ଏମିତି ହଟା ଏମିତି ଗନ୍ଧିଆ ହାଣ୍ଡରାଇଟିଂ ନବନି ଫୋପାଡ଼ି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଯେ ଭଲ କି ନ ଲେଖିବ ନେବନି, ପୁରା ଗୁଡ୍ ହାଣ୍ଡରାଇଟିଂରେ ଲେଖିବାର ଅଛି, ନହେଲେ ଟାଇପ୍ କରିବି। ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଯଦି ଗାଈ ବଳଦ ଲେଖିଲା ଭଳିଆ ଲେଖୁଛନ୍ତି, ମଣିଷ ଭଳିଆ ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ। ନେକ୍ସଟ
Serial number 2.
What is the urgency?
The petitioner is being asked to pay for that principal rights, lordship, pay and recover rights. Since last pay and recover rights is forcibly being asked to pay the money by the bank, which is not liable.
9th.
Serial number 3. Serial number 3. Serial number 4.
Petitioner has challenged the legal inaction of the opposition. Number 2, procedure of the vehicle. Lordship,
What is the urgency?
Lordship,
Urgency nahi wala mujhe loge bhi nahi. If it is no urgency, no listing. What is the urgency?
Financial problem.
What is the urgency? Financial problem can't be an urgency. आराम से आसो से थर्ड वे कड़ा लगा फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम उडे urgency उडे काली घर भंगा ही जीवो घर बैंक नहीं जीवो इंतिया जाए urgency को आ जाए ये फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम इंति बाजे केस उडा मेमो दियो दुनी. Next.
Serial number 5.
Encroachment matter.
हाँ
Encroachment matter.
encroachment.
Yes, sir.
Notice केवे पाई चंदी.
No, not notice, my lord. In fact, the government land has been encroached and there is.
Notice kai पाई चंदी eviction.
I am the petitioner.
I know you are the petitioner, sir. Who are you?
I am seeking and my lord.
एटा urgency नहीं यार फटा पछाड़.
घर को रास्ता.
किसी urgency घर को आते दिन थोड़ा अबे दिन के बंद गला. अब फिर आराम से आसी लगा से 17-18 लगा. कोई हड़बड़ नहीं.
कैंसिल.
हाँ
से फ्रॉड करके एलआरसी नहीं थे
अरे हला सतरा देखिबा
कैंसिल
हला
घर को रास्ता नहीं मु
घर को रास्ता नहीं सर उडे ही नहीं जो
अन्य लोकर जगह दे जाउ
से जा जोड़ जान संजय आउ किसी दिन जान 17 तारिख दे जान
आ गोटे ता पूर्व टिके रखो वर्षा दिन भारी हैरान
गोटे काम करियो गोटे वीडियो टे बुलतो देखिछनी गोटे लोकटा शू पिंदी शू भिजी जी बोली हाथ रे एने देखि ऊपर गोड़ टेकी जाउ संजय जी. नेक्स्ट.
Serial number 6.
6.
माने eviction matter माने under appeal
eviction केबे
24 आठ रही
हां
24 आठ
केबे eviction कराबे कहछि
within 7 days
काल लगन. Next.
Serial number 7.
7.
My lord, in this matter, the petitioner challenges the inaction of the opposite party authorities
What is the inaction?
by not carrying out the order.
What kind of order?
Demolition order, my lord.
आपण किए?
I'm the landowner where the private opposite party has raided a illegal and unauthorized construction by obstructing the public road, my lord.
आराम से आसियो.
My lord, this is the 6th time.
10th.
My lord, 6th time litigation.
How 6 and 7 time the 10th पर कथा होता 10th राशि.
Serial number 8.
मेरा रीजन appeal matter notice received on 23rd and 30th for दिन eviction again
काल लगन. Next.
Serial number 9.
my lord this is a eviction matter my lord taken up tomorrow
केबे अछि भांगिया पे केबे दै छु
7 days notice is there.
काल लगन. Next.
Serial number 10.
my lord modification your lordship order my lord
काली आओ नहीं हे गला जति के दै नो फर्दर ना ना eviction हो जा भी मु कहि दिली 10 टा भीतर देबे बोली नो आज आओ दिस मु कहू जी आपण ना सेमतिया कला मु बंद कर देबी टोटल बंद आपण सेमतिया फोर्स करबे बंद नो मेंशन चीफ जैसे पकड़ मेंशन करबे आई नो इन हरी व्हाट इज दिस आपण के 10 टा अगरु आपण जहा हाथ रे पटान 10 टा अगरु दे सर देबेनी कौन काबड़ कौन अर्जेंसी
माइक अनाउंसमेंट 5 days संदी
माइक अनाउंसमेंट ऑर्डर को अछि का को चैलेंज करछंती आपण
स्टॉक कलेक्टर तहसीलदार
को ऑर्डर को चैलेंज करछंती
you lordship the
माइक अनाउंसमेंट ऑर्डर को चैलेंज
नहीं the another petition another को ये receive the notice
हो जाए कल आ कोड अर्जेंसी वाला को
notice for
गुटे दिन काल ठो बिल्कुल रखाबी बिल्कुल रखाबी
kindly demolition fixed to 30th my lord kindly take note tomorrow
जानतु आज गोटे दिन काली टू आज दिया
Demolition materials.
हाँ सर दियंतु
Killers.
काली परदिन लगा
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଆପଣଙ୍କର
Criminal revision of two.
हाँ
Defect removal.
डिफेक्ट आगे रिमूव करନ୍ତୁ हेलो सर डिफेक्ट रिमूव का आग करके रिमूव हटा दो डिफेक्ट जोड़ा रिमूव फेर दियो बिल्कुल फेर दियो डिफेक्ट आगे रिमूव होके आसନ୍ତୁ डिफेक्ट नहीं रिमूव कर आसी पळै आसନ୍ତୁ मेंशन
I'll remove in the course of daily.
आग करके आस कर आग बिना डिफेक्ट रिमूव कर मु किछ करियो आग रिमूव करके आस आज दुईटा बेले को मते
Oblige.
दुईटा नहीं पूर्व उठियो
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା।
Criminal
जा
revision,
जान जल्दी
criminal revision of 2017 against the conviction under section 138 NI Act and the check holder in the due course. A stay order is operating against me.
काल लगे
This is also is criminal.
सर दे दियंतु काली दुई दिन 2014 रो 3 दिन पर लगा
2018.
अरे पछा लगा 17 16 दे दियो 12 11 12 दे दियो
Maybe pardon to mention.
आउ मेंशन नहीं बहुत हेगला गुटे पर गुटे लंबी चल छथि कोन एटा आपण 10टा आगरु देबे मेंशनिंग नियाबो आ नले जे ब्रह्मा हेले भी देबिनी जे ही भी सीनियर होंतु जूनियर होंतु रूल समस्त में गुटे हां 10टा करछि 10टा भीतर देबे बस नो नो फर्दर जे नेक्स्ट
Item, page number 2, item 11 to 18, page number 3, item 19 to 24.
Item 15.
आइटम
15 lordship.
15 कोन हला
Kindly 1 week auto matter. Instruction ପାଇଁ ଅଛି।
ମୁଁ ପିଟିସନର ପାଇଁ ସାର୍ କଣ ଖାଲି ଖାଇବା କଥା ୱାନ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ ସେଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ହବା
वी आर टॉकिंग
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
ठीक है 9th सितंबर
ଆଉ
9th
item
सितंबर
ସାର୍ ନାଇନ୍ଥ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜ୍ଞା
item 17 and 14 similar matter already disposed of
17
and 42.
आसु सिमिलर अमाउंट डिस्पोजल में मेंशन कर डिस्पोज करियो ना कोन मुंडो खराब ना सिमिलर अमाउंट डिस्पोज तो बिना सुनी करी
Quantity matter already
you have to be here in the court don't go like this mention कोड केबे बुद्धि सिकिबो गोटे मैटर टे सिमिलर अमाउंट डिस्पोज हेबे मेंशन हे तो डिस्पोज कर दो जानि से मैटरटा कोन किछि न दो कि डिस्पोज कर देबी कॉस्ट लगेबी सेमती इंडिया मेंशनिंग करबे जूनियर सीनियर किछि मानिबी व्हाट इज दिस पर बिना सुनी करी अपना सिमिलर मैटर ए कवर्ड बिजनेस मो कोर्ट रे चलिबनी सेम मिस्टर कवर्ड हेतिला भी मैटर आर्ग्यू करिवे कवर चेक मु करबी हु आर यू टू से द कवर मैटर
ଆପଣ
कवर मैटर पे आपण कहबे की देन व्हाई आर यू डूइंग दिस यंग काउंसिल शुड बी केयरफुल बिना पढ़ी के पड़े आसी कवर्ड 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 लो इजी आर्गुमेंट करे पड़िबनी कवर्ड मैटर ले भी आर्ग्यू करिवो मो कोर्ट रे एटे चलिबे
sorry
बी हियर वेट
sorry बोला
wait your turn till your turn comes don't mention like this mention what kara next
Page number 3, item 19 to 24.
There, my lord, there are two items. Item 20.
23
My lord, I have taken consent from the, my lord, counsel for the petitioner. He has some difficulty in the, my lord, in that matter, my lord, I have to take consent from the bank. But I will take the, my lord, to 1 week.
एटा केबे आपण
1 week after.
अपोजिट पार्टी
Petitioner counsel का वो नहीं दी.
होइजंती
Consent.
पक्का ना
Yes, yes.
तो 5th September 5th September आउ कोन टाइम देबी 1 वीक कहले 1 वीक भेला नि 1 वीक हिसाब करू तो केते दिन हला मोर देन 1 वीक मोर देन 1 वीक
9.
हो 9
Page number 4, item
आर पार्टी
20.
आसी कहला माने आपण के ऊपर कॉस्ट लगे पूरा एबे मैं गोटे फंड बनौची ए जो डिस्ट्रेस लॉयर मान गोटे फंड बनौची सेथरु जो मान को डिस्ट्रेस आपण तो जूनियर मान को पैसा पैसा दउ नांती कम से सेमतिया पिला के पाइबे पैसा से फंड से एठो सब फंड सेठी जिवा बाहर को गले से फंड जाउनी अलगा आडे भुजी रे पळुची तेनु सेंदी गोटे सेपरेट फंड बनौची कथा hi सार छिमु एंड सब लॉयर सीनियर माने जो बेसी बेसी प्रैक्टिस रे पैसा कम समस्त 50,000 से डोनेट करिवे जबरदस्ती ना आपण मैटर सब डिस्कस करिवे ना डोनेट
एमटी तो decision.
नेक्स्ट
Page number 4, item
Distress
25 to
जो माने गां गहली रो आसंती तांगा पई किछि नो माय बाप कोई नहीं है फर्स्ट जनरेशन एरा होजी क्राइटेरिया तुम तो सबसे बड़ा कमिंग अंडर उल्टा उल्टा मैं मागी भी तुम 20-25,000 से डोनेट करियो हां आ बाकी जते कॉस्ट एबे 500 कर जे 5,000 को बढ़े देबी कॉस्ट 500 रु 5,000 कॉस्ट बढ़ी जीवा से सब जीवो हला नेक्स्ट
Page number 4, item 29.
29,
Page number 5, item 30 to 36.
31.
I will say opposite bank, my lord. Lordship has last year and
कौन आपण बैंक वाला खाली टाइम मागू
he lobster has
2018 matter.
lobster has made with an accident. He has joined yesterday.
Who?
The lobster of the concern, my lord. That is why I prefer one.
My lord, I am for the
Ninth of-
petitioner.
The ninth rest.
My lord, I recall, you have, I am obliged that you order for cancellation of the meeting at Bhadra,
That,
that your lady.
okay.
You see, 6 years have passed. Bank, they are convinced it is due, but they are not in a position to take decision.
1,09,000 has
That-
been paid to her.
That is also wrongfully, because the gratuity matter here, 20,000 should be there.
Then why
1,09,000 has been
your law officer if he meets with an accident? So the bank stops working and then
direct file affidavit. That is why
then
No, it is a,
ninth rest was-
it is a matter, is accounts matter,
Let it come ninth.
not it law matters.
they have to say,
You can say let it be
Let it-
final hearing.
the
Let-
final hearing. Out time they win.
Now, final
List,
hearing, but.
10th September.
Okay.
It is made clear that no further adjournments.
Up
Any of the
10th,
parties.
10th, 11th, 10th, I have got some.
11th.
Yeah.
11th.
Yeah.
Okay, 11th.
Okay.
11th. Next.
Page number 6, item 37 to 45.
My lord, item 30, I pray for 2 weeks time. I have
30?
to 39.
39.
I'll file the rejoinder. Yesterday, at 3 o'clock, I received the counter.
You want to file rejoinder?
Rejoinder.
Land consumer the petitioner 2 weeks time to file rejoinder. 13 September.
ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଗଡେଇ ସେ ଲୋକଟା ଆସିବ ଦୂରରୁ ଆସିବ ତ
କୋଉଠି ଆସିବ?
ବାଲେଶ୍ୱର ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ଆସିବ
ବାଲେଶ୍ୱର ଗୋଟେ ଦୂର।
ତାକୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ
3 ଘଣ୍ଟା ରାସ୍ତା ବସ ରେ,
ନାଇଁ 4 ଘଣ୍ଟା
2.5 ଘଣ୍ଟା ରାସ୍ତା ଟ୍ରେନ ରେ।
ଆଉ ଟିକେ
ବାଲେଶ୍ୱର ଦୂର।
ମତେ କହିଛି ଟିକେ ଗଡେଇ
ହଉ 25 କରିଦେ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Next.
Page number 7, item 46 to 50.
On behalf of Mr. Sanjay Rai, last occasion-
Item
Item 50.
50 କଣ ହେଲା?
The lordship has directed to obtain infection. We have not yet received. My lord,
That OSSC matter.
Yes.
Here for the opposite party? No. That marks, there's something mark discrepancy, na?
Yes. Morning after, we are not yet received.
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଗଡବଡ ହେଇଛି, ଗଡବଡ ଅଛି ଏଥିପାଇଁ ମିଳୁନି ତାକୁ, ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ଏଇଟା 100% ଆପଣ ଉଲ୍ଟା ସିଧା କାମ ହେଇଛି, ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ଏବେ କେତେ ଥର ଆଡଜର୍ନମେଣ୍ଟ ହବ ଦେଖି ଭାବୁଥାଉ। କେବେ କେତେ ତାରିଖ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ?
Morning after.
1 week after କାହିଁକି? 2 ଦିନ ପରେ ନ 1 week after, ନହେଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ OSSC ଚେୟାରମ୍ୟାନ ଏପିୟର ହବ ଏଠି। କଣ ପାଇଁ ସେମିତି କରିଛି ମୁଁ ଦେଖିବି। ଗୋଟେ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଗୋଟେ 50 ମାର୍କ 118 ମାର୍କ ପାଇଲା କେମିତି ଗୋଟେ ପିଲା? ମୋର ମନେ ଅଛି ସେଟା 50 ମାର୍କ ହଉଛି ଟୋଟାଲ ମାର୍କ, 118 ମାର୍କ ତାକୁ ଦିଆଯାଇଛି। ଆଉ ଏବେ ଖୋଲିଛ ବସିକି କୋଉଠୁ ପାଇଲା କେ ଜାଣି 118 ମାର୍କ କୋଉଠୁ ଆଇଲା କି ଜାଣି? କିଛି ଦିଆହେବନି ଟାଇମ୍, ନହେଲେ ତ ତାର OSSC ଚେୟାରମ୍ୟାନ ନହେଲେ ମେମ୍ବର ଯିଏ ଆସିକି ଛିଡା ହେବେ ହେଲା। କେମିତି ସେ କେମିତି କାଲକୁଲେସନ ପାଇଲା ମୁଁ ଦେଖିବି। ଏଟା ଆଜି ଲାଗିଛି, କାଲି ଲଗା, ଏଟା 2 ଦିନ ପରେ ଲଗା। ମଣ୍ଡେ नो 1 week, ମଣ୍ଡେ ସୁଦ୍ଧା ଆସିକି ଯଦି ମଣ୍ଡେରେ ନ ଟାଇମ୍ ମାଗିଲ ତମ ଚେୟାରମ୍ୟାନ କୁ ଛିଡା କରିବନି। ଚେୟାରମ୍ୟାନ ଯିଏ ଥାଉ ସେଥିରେ ମେମ୍ବର ଚେୟାରମ୍ୟାନ ସେକ୍ରେଟାରୀ ଯିଏ ବି ଅଛି ହେଲା, କହିଦିଅ ତମ ସିନିୟରକୁ କହିଦିଅ, ଛାଡିବିନି ଏଟା। ଆଉ ଯଦି ପାଇଲି ତାକୁ ଏଠୁ ଜେଲ ପଠେଇବି, ସିଧା ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ ଯିବ 14 ଜେଲ, ଛାଡିବିନି। Next.
Your lordship's item 48, your lordship. 48.
48.
And for the opposite party bank, your lordships, I pray for an adjournment. I pray for an adjournment, your lordship. Let it come after 2 weeks.
ଆପଣ କେତେ ଆଡଜର୍ନମେଣ୍ଟ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ପାଷ୍ଟରେ?
Sir,
କେତେ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି?
sir, last occasion.
17 ତାରିଖ
Yes, your lordship, last occasion.
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ। 19 2 ଥର 3 ଥର 4 ଥର 5 ଥର 6 ଥର 7 ଥର 7 ଥର
No.
7 ଥର ଏଟା ଆଡଜର୍ନ ହେଲାଣି। 7 ଥର ମାନେ 700 ଟଙ୍କା ଆପଣ ଡିପୋଜିଟ କରିବେ, ତାପରେ ଆପଣ ଆଡଜର୍ନମେଣ୍ଟ
Last
ଦେବେ।
occasion, your lordship.
200 କାଟିଦେଲି, 500 500 rupees.
Your lordship.
You tell your senior, not you. I am not imposing on you. Okay.
He is an accommodation, that's why I'm praying for an adjournment.
Accommodation. What accommodation?
Nandi.
Nandi. You argue. You are competent to argue. What you talk. You argue well. I've seen. Get ready. Get ready. It is an opportunity. You should take advantage of it. I'll help you. Don't worry. Go and read file. For a last okay, if you are ready. Go and read the file. आराम से पढ़ो. हाँ?
Your lordship is at least 10th was.
जहाँ भी तुम सीनियर आर्ग्यू करो जहाँ वो तुम आर्ग्यू करो से ही हो. तेणु किसी फरक नहीं. हला. Go and argue. मैं देखी भी बेसिक difficult you are not able to you are facing problem then I'll adjust at that
I
time.
pray for an
You
adjournment.
try it today then I'll after trying. Okay. Don't worry, it's not be prejudicial to you. Senior गाली दला वाले कर देंगे. Don't worry. But you should argue. Okay. Go and read. Next.
Page number 8, item 51 to 55.
Item 51, Lordship. On behalf of Mr. Das, Lordship, take time for preparation of dead chart, Lordship.
Preparation
One
dead chart
time.
ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ time ମାଗୁଛନ୍ତି ବା.
One week time,
ଏ ଗୋଟେ କାମ prepare ଆପଣଙ୍କର କାମ duty it is a
Matter regarding
duty of
dismiss-
the council to prepare the dead chart.
matter regarding dismissal, Lordship.
हाँ तो
1 week time, Lordship.
no why should I
Dead chart.
why not बिल्कुल नहीं. 2020 matter କେତେ ବড় preparation dead chart ପାଇଁ ଆପଣ time ମାଗିବେ. Get ready to argue. I'm not granting any delay. No.
Next week, Lordship.
No next week. Sorry. You get ready and argue.
My lord, item
Tomorrow, Lordship.
No tomorrow. Today.
I am not,
ଏବେ ମୁଁ 3ଟା ବେଳେ argue ଶୁଣିବି.
on behalf of Lordship,
ଏବେ
that's I am
prepare
not,
କଲେ ବି dead chart ବନେଇ ଦେଇ ପାରିବି. ହାତରେ ଲେଖିଲେ ବି ଚଳିବ. I can read. No problem. ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ. Prepare କରିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ.
tomorrow, Lordship.
No tomorrow. ଆଜି ହିଁ ଶୁଣିବି. କାହିଁକି ଖାଲି ଏମିତି dead chart କାହିଁ ଆପଣ ବନେଇ ପାରିବେନି? Next.
My lord, item 54 on behalf of Mr. SP
ହଉ
Das.
କାଲି ready ହେଇକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ. Tomorrow. Next.
My lord, item 54 on behalf of Mr. SP Das. Kindly next week, my lord.
Kindly next week କଣ ପାଇଁ?
He is not in the court of town.
ଆପଣ କରନ୍ତୁ argument.
I am not assigned. I am not assigned, my lord. On behalf of you, I am just requesting. your lordship.
Place the matter on October 29. Next.
My lord, next week, my lord, end.
29th October. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ହିସାବରେ ଡେଟ୍ ଦେବି ନା ମୋ ହିସାବରେ ଡେଟ୍ ଦେବି? ହଁ I have to look up to my board ନା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ମୁହଁ ଦେଖିକି ଦେବି. Next. 55 କଣ? ଫାଇଲ ମିସପ୍ଲେସ୍ ଆମ ଫାଇଲ ଦେଇଦିଅ. ନିଅନ୍ତୁ. ନିଅନ୍ତୁ. ଆମ ଫାଇଲ ଅଛି. ଫାଇଲ ଦେଇଦିଅ. ଆରେ ସାର୍ ଫାଇଲ ନେଇକି ପଢନ୍ତୁ. କାଇଁ ଆଉ ଦିନ ଆସିବ? ସବୁ ଫାଇଲ ଅଛି. ଆପଣ ଫାଇଲ ସେ 12ଟା ଥିବ ସେଠି. ଆମେ ବି ଏମିତି କରୁଥିଲୁ. ଏଇଠି ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନା ଆମର ଫାଇଲ ତ ଦଉଛୁ ଆମକୁ. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଫାଇଲ ନଦେଲେ ଆମ ଫାଇଲ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ. ହଁ କଣ ଅଛି? ଆମ ଫାଇଲରେ ଯାହା ଥିବ ଆପଣ ଆମ ଫାଇଲ ଏଲସିଆର ବି ଅଛି ଆମ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ. ଆମ ଫାଇଲରେ ଏଲସିଆର ବି ଅଛି. ଆଉ କଣ ଦରକାର କୁହନ୍ତୁ? କେବେ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରିବି? ଆଜି ଭଲ ଦିନ ନାହିଁ. 2 weeks after. କଣ ପାଇଁ? ସିଧା October 30th ଯାଅ. 30th October. ହେଲା ଆପଣ ଆରାମ ସେ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରୁଥିବେ. ନେକ୍ସଟ.
Item 1.
ଆପଣ ଏ adjournment culture ଟାକୁ ବନ୍ଦ କରନ୍ତୁ. This is very bad. ଏତେ adjournment କଣ ମ? ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ଲେସରେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ମାତ୍ର 2 ମିନିଟରେ ସରିଯିବ. adjournment ପରେ adjournment ନେଇ ଚାଲିଥିବ. ହଁ council requested ନା. I don't appreciate the adjournment thing. Don't do this. I can understand 2024 ର ମ୍ୟାଟର ଠିକ ଅଛି. 23-24 ଠିକ ଅଛି. ଆପଣ ପୁରା ସେ 18, 17, 12, 13 ମ୍ୟାଟର ଗୁଡାକ କହୁଛନ୍ତି. ହଁ 24 ର. ନେକ୍ସଟ.
My lord, may I please your lordship? This is the my lord second round of litigation before lordship.
What is the case ଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ? ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ litigation ଆଗ କହିଲେଣି.
Eviction matter, my lord. We are present petition is the secretary of the Vyavasai Sangha, Charamba Vyavasai Sangha, my lord.
ହଁ
Secretary of the Charamba Vyavasai Sangha.
ଚରମ୍ପା.
Vyavasai, yes, my lord, Charamba, in the district of Bhadrak.
ଫିର କଣ ହେଲା?
Paper, in the paper, it was published that shop will be demolished.
There.
Earlier also there was a
କେସ୍ ଟାକୁ ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ ପ୍ରପରଲି କରନ୍ତୁ.
Yes,
ଆପଣ ସେକ୍ରେଟାରୀ ଅଫ ଦ ଚରମ୍ପା ବ୍ୟବସାୟୀ ସଂଘ ତାପରେ କଣଟା ହେଇଗଲା? ସେକ୍ରେଟାରୀ ହେଲେ ଯେ
what
କଣଟା
happened, my lord, in the year 2012,
ହଁ.
a notice was issued for the eviction.
ସାର୍ କୋଉଠି କାହାର କଣ eviction?
Shop owners of the Charamba Vyavasai Sangha.
ତ ସବ୍ ଓନର୍ସ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆସୋସିଏସନ ମେମ୍ବର ପାଇଁ
Vyavasai Sangha,
କହିବେ ନା ଆଉ.
that's why, my lord, I am the secretary of the
You are
website.
secretary, he might be secretary.
My lord.
Secretary हिसाब रे आपन पर्सनल जाउची कि आपन एसोसिएशन
No, association.
नहीं?
Association. Petitioners व्यवसायी संघ.
तो शॉप कहार शॉप टा किए देथिला आपन
So we have been
किए देथिला
functioning
सेटा
since
कोना
last 8 years.
सेटा काई कहबी सेटा आपन
Last 8 years, my lord.
8 years जे कहा किए देथिला कार जमी रे करछंती शॉप
Government of Orissa.
गवर्नमेंट शॉप बने के देथिला ना शॉप आपन बनै
नहीं
छथि
सब आमे बनेइछु.
काहे जगह रे गवर्नमेंट
गवर्नमेंट जगह रे admittedly.
एडमिटेडली गवर्नमेंट जगह रे
that-
तो गवर्नमेंट काढी बनी आपन
नहीं,
ରୋଡ ପାଇଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ
road
ପଢିବାକୁ
नहीं,
ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି।
road ପାଇଁ widening
काढी बिल्कुल
नहीं that's why
ତ ନିଜେ କହିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ରୋଡ ପାଇଁ କି
no no in the year
Yeah.
2012 my lord there was a discussion annexure 1 kindly
मैं भी 2012 रे जाथिला सिचुएशन
नहीं 2012 ପରେ 2014
सरकार भी बोल
ಇದು
दी
collector is the master.
2014 रे option to the discussion of the collector the
Hmm.
petitioners व्यवसायी संघ that is the shop owners of the both side of the road they dismantled and demolished their shop room accordingly that was expanded from 30 feet to 46 feet.
now they want to for it.
जो आउ बड़ करी रास्ता और जी सरकार जगह रे
we are
सरकार जगह सरकार एनी टाइम डेमोलिश करिवो
that's right my lord.
आपन
That's
किसी
right,
राइट
my lord.
नहीं सिंपल
My grievance before your lordship that
व्हाट इज योर गिवन
last 8 years we are
से कथा छाड़
standing so many
एबे
people
कौन
are depending upon
एबे कोन चाहउछंती
ଏବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆମେ ବି ଅଣ୍ଡରଟେକିଂ ଦଉଛୁ ଆଉ 10 ଫୁଟ ଆମେ ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଦବୁ 100 ଫୁଟ ଆମେ ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଦବୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଏନକ୍ରୋଚମେଣ୍ଟ ରହିବୁ
माने एनकरेज करिवे ना जहां
ଏ ଜବରଦସ୍ତି ନୁହେଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଦେବୁ।
ଜବରଦସ୍ତି ନୁହେଁ we are also paying rent also electricity
काउ रेंट दोछंती
revenue authority
केते टका दियंती रेंट
rent ଭ୍ୟାଲି ଯାହା ଆସୁଛି
केते आसी 5 टका 4 टका
ନାଇଁ ସେମିତି ଆଉ ତ ଆସୁନି ଆଗ ଭଳି 5
ଚାରି
ଟଙ୍କା 4
ଟଙ୍କା,
ଟଙ୍କା
5 ଟଙ୍କା
ଆସୁଛି
ଆସୁଛି।
ନା ନାଇଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଅଧିକା ଆସୁଛି 5
କେତେ
ଟଙ୍କା
ଆସୁଛି?
4 ଟଙ୍କା ନାହିଁ
केते
ସେଇଟାରେ
150,
କିଛି
200
ରେଣ୍ଟ ର
ଏମିତି
କୌଣସି ଡାଟା
ହଁ ହଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆସୁଛି ଆଉ
ଏ
ସେମିତି
କଥା
ନାହିଁ
କଣ? କେତେ
ମ୍ୟୁନିସିପାଲିଟି
ଆସୁଛି?
ଏରିଆ ମ୍ୟୁନିସିପାଲିଟି ଏରିଆ ଅଧିକା ଆସୁଛି
म्युनिसिपालिटी को एटा म्युनिसिपालिटी मांगु
ମ୍ୟୁନିସିପାଲିଟି ହଁ
म्युनिसिपालिटी मांगु
ମ୍ୟୁନିସିପାଲିଟି
କଲେକ୍ଟର କୁ ସେମାନେ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା କୋର୍ଟ
ଆପଣ
10
ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
10 ଫୁଟ
ସେଠିକି।
ଛାଡିଦେବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆମେ କଲେକ୍ଟର କୁ ତ
ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ କରନ୍ତୁ
କଲେକ୍ଟର ଆଜ୍ଞା ଗୋଟେ ଅବଜରଭେସନ ଟା ମୁଁ ପଢି ଦଉଛି କଲେକ୍ଟରଙ୍କ
ଆରଡିସି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ନା ଆରଡିସି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାପରେ
ସାର୍ ଏଥିରେ ମୁଁ କିଛି କରିବିନି ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ ଆୱେ କିଛି କରିବିନି ମୁଁ କହି ଦଉଛି ମୁଁ ଏନକ୍ରୋଚର ମାନେ କୌଣସି ସିମ୍ପାଥି ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ଦୋକାନ କରିଥାନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ କି ଗୁହାଳ କରିଥାନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କଲେକ୍ଟରଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ଆରଡିସି କହିଲେ
ବ୍ୟବସାୟୀ ସଂଘ
encroachment କୁ କାଢ।
ଚରମ୍ପା in the district of Bhadrak.
let them approve the collector
Members of the Sangha have established their small business retail trading of the retail trading on both sides of the road from Bhadrak railway station part to NH16, which is previously known as NH5. The said road is the only way to National Highway to Railway Station Charampa, which is 400 meters.
that is
The members of the petitioner Bevasai Sangha have been running their business since last 80 years. Na, 80 years.
yes more than 80 more than 80
80 years.
yes my lord
How can we set up
Not
illegal? Na?
and historical Kali Puja
And title you are not
my lord
Disputed question of
historical
facts.
Kali Puja
And
is the
business is the sole source of livelihood of the respective families. Hence, the petitioners are constrained to approve this court after the against which order?
again paper publication
Against the paper public code achieve.
Annexure 6 I
Against the
think so
paper publication made by the annexure 6 the code.
ଦେଖିଲେ
no annexure 6 no
Kete?
annexure 12 page 13
Against the annexure 12.
ସେଇଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା 12 ମସିହାରେ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ହେଇଥିଲା ବୋଲି ଆମେ ଆସିଲୁ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଇଟା କୋड ଏଇଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପେପର କଟିଂ ଏଇଟା
ଯେ
କଣ?
ଅନ୍ୟ ମାନଙ୍କର ମିଶିଲା ବୋଲି ଏଇଟା ଦେଇଛି
ପେପର କାଢିବେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ମାଟିରେ ମିଶିଲା କଚେରୀ ବଜାର ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଆର୍ଟିକଲ ଆଣିକି
ଆଜି ଚରମ୍ପା ପାଳି
କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
ଆଜି ଚରମ୍ପା ପାଳି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଇଠି ସେଇଠି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେଇଠି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆଜି ଚରମ୍ପା ପାଳି
ମୁଁ ଯାଇନି ଆଜି ଚରମ୍ପା ପାଳି ସେ
We are apprehending,
ଥିଲା ଆଜି ପଳେଇ ଏଇଠି
we are apprehending my lord
will you may apprehend the petitioner constrained to approach this court since they are apprehending the demolition of their shopping complex, which is the only source of their livelihood. Full stop. If the petitioners are so apprehensive about the demolition, the petitioners are free to approach the district collector Bhadrak within a week from today, failing which the Bhadrak municipality authority shall take appropriate action.
ସେଇଟା ଖାଇବ
ନା ସେଇଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା ହେଲେ ଆଉ ଆମେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆପ୍ରୋଚ୍ କରିବୁ
ଆପଣ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
till approach my lord no
till approach 7 ଦିନ time ଦେଲି ଆଉ
7 ଦିନ
failing which and the collector shall pass appropriate order in accordance with the law. Dispose of.
Till decision,
Ah, ଏତେ
till
କିଛି
decision,
ନାହିଁ
my lord. Till decision, my lord, ଏତିକି ଗୋଟେ
Till this କହିଲି ପରା collector shall pass ବୋଲି କହିଲେ କି ଆଉ କଣ ଲେଖା?
till decision no course of action. ଏତିକି ଆଜ୍ଞା
Decision होगा.
ଟେକ୍ ଅପ୍ ପାଇଁ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଟେକ୍ ଅପ୍ ଯାଏ
Matter is taken up by the collector that shall.
ତାକୁ ହିଁ ମାଗିଦେବେ
ସେଇଟା ତ ମୁଁ automatic without saying ମୁଁ ଲେଖୁଛି।
ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ପାଇଁ ସେଇଠି ମାଗିଦେବେ
ହଁ, ସେଇଠି ତ ମାଗିବି
Take up ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ସେଟା ଲେଖା ହଉଛି ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ସେତେ କହେନି ସବୁ ଲେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ।
ସେତିକି
They know
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
very well.
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ସେ ଲାଇନ ଟା ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ହେଲା ଡୋଣ୍ଟ वरी ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 2.
Item
ଟୁ
2,
I am giving a memo yesterday with regard to Bonnerpart Tahsil, 1 day notice. ମୁଁ ଦିଆ ହେଇଥିଲା ଦିଟା କାଲି
କଣ ହେଲା
ଏଇଟା ଆଜି
ଆଇଡେଣ୍ଟିକାଲ ହଁ
ଫେର କଣ ହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କର
କାଲି ଗୋଟେ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଦିଟା ଥିଲା
କଣ ଥିଲା
ଅର୍ଜେଣ୍ଟ କପି ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଟାଇମ ଅର୍ଜେଣ୍ଟ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ
urgent
ହେଇଯାଉଛି।
ଆଜି ହିଁ ମିଳିଯିବ
ସାଙ୍ଗେ
ସିଏ ଦେଇଦେବେ,
ଅର୍ଜେଣ୍ଟ
ଦେଇଦେବେ।
କପି ଅବସେସନ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିପାରୁନି
ଆଇଡେଣ୍ଟିକାଲ ମ୍ୟାଟର
ଏମିତି ଯୋଉଟା ଭାଙ୍ଗିବା ମ୍ୟାଟର ମାନେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ମୁଁ ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି କଣ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଥିରେ ଗୋଟେ ଏଠାରେ ଅଛି ଯେ ଗୋଟେ ମତେ ଟିକେ ଦେବେ ଯଦି ତାଙ୍କର ଟିକେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଇଏଟା
କାଲି
ମୁଁ
ହେଇଛି
ତାଙ୍କ
30
ବ୍ୟବହାରରେ
ତାରିଖ ଅଛି।
ବ୍ୟବହାରରେ କହୁଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଟିକେ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ବୋଲେ ସିନୋସିସ୍ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେ କହିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ he has replied to the show cause and that show cause has to be decided by the tahsildar let it be decided by the tahsildar to reply to show cause
Annexure 2 ହଉଛି ନୋଟିସ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି eviction
ହଁ ସେ
1 day ରେ
till it takes up the show cause
ସେ order ଟା
ଯେ ଶୋକଜ ତ ଆପଣ
reply
ଶୋକଜ 7 days ଟାଇମ ଦେବେନି
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ସେଇଆ ପରା।
ଦେବେ କାଲି
ହଁ that was harsh that he has given show cause reply
even if he is not given sir one
that is harsh
ଦବ
2
It
days
is.
is harsh
I
know, I-
has to give a reasonable time
so I'll take instruction
30
he has
ତାରିଖ
to appear before me
no he
That is the
ଖାଲି
instruction.
instruction ପାଇଁ ଥିଲା
ହଁ
ଖାଲି ଥିଲା instruction ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ instruction ଆଣିଲେ ଆପଣ
instruction କଣ ଆଣିଲେ
ଆସିବ ପରା ଏଇ ଦିଟା ନୁହେଁ
30 ତାରିଖ ଅଛି
ଏଇଟା ଆଜି ଲେଟର ଯିବ ସେଇଟା 30 ଅଛି ଏଇଟା 30 କୁ ଆଣନ୍ତୁ
ଏଇଟା ଅଲଗା
ନାଇଁ,
ଅଲଗା କେସ୍
ଦିଟା କେସ୍ କାଲି ଅର୍ଡର ହେଲା 30 ତାରିଖ ଅଛି ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ମାଗିନି ନୋ କୋର୍ସ ଆକ୍ସନ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି କାଲି
ହଁ।
ଆପଣ ସେଇଟା ଆଜି ଏଇ ଦିଟା ଉଠି ଯାଇଛି
ଏଇଟା ସେଇ ସେମ୍
ସେ ଆଇଡି ହଁ ଏକା ତହସିଲ ଏକା ଏକା
Same.
ସେ ଡେଟ୍ ଟା ଦେଇଛି କାଲିକା ଡେଟ୍ ଆଇଡେଣ୍ଟିକାଲ ଅର୍ଡର ଆଇଟମ 8 ଟା ମଧ୍ୟ ସେୟା ମୁଣ୍ଡଙ୍କୁ କାଲି ଦିଆ ହେଇଥିଲା ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ
ଠିକ ଅଛି
ଏଇଟା ମୁଁ ମୁନକୁ ଦେଇଦେବି
30 ରେ ଲାଗେ ଆପଣ
30
instruction ଆଣନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
instruction ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ତାକୁ କହିବେ ବାବୁ ତୁ ଏତେ
କହିଦଉଛି
ଏତେ
ମୁଁ।
ପଣ୍ଡିତ ହେଲୁଣି ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
that is harsh
this is not good ହାର୍ସ ନାଇଁ ସେମିତିଆ କଲେ କଷ୍ଟ ଲଗେଇବି ସବୁଠୁ ଖାଲି କଲେକ୍ସନ କରିବି ସବୁ କଲେକ୍ସନ ଗୋଟେ ଫଣ୍ଡ କୁ ଯିବ
ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଲେକ୍ଟ
କାଲି
ତହସିଲଦାର ଠୁ କଲେକ୍ସନ ଫଣ୍ଡ ତହସିଲଦାର ହଉ କି ଯେ ହଉ
Sorry.
କଣ ଏଟା ଚଲେଇଛନ୍ତି
ଆଇଟମ 8 ଟା ମଧ୍ୟ ସେୟା
ଆଇଟମ 8 ବି ସେଇଆ
ଆଇଟମ 8 2 and 8
ଠିକ।
ସେ ଦିଟା କେସ୍ ନମ୍ବର ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ନେକ୍ସଟ
नो कोर्स एक्शन
item 3,
May I please, Your Lordship? Challenging the eviction notice, the petitioner approached the Hon'Ble Court, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship kindly come to the notice of eviction, Your Lordship. Page 9.
କଣ ହେଇଛି ମୋର ଟିକେ କହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ କିଏ କୋଉଠି
Your
ଅଛନ୍ତି
Lordship, I'm a villager and the plot which has been
You're a
impugned
villager?
here. Yes, Your Lordship. The
You have
plot is
entered the
adjacent
government
to
land.
my homestead land, Your Lordship. And the plot is adjacent to my homestead land, Your Lordship.
which plot
The plot, the eviction notice has been issued.
plot କାହାର plot
It is a government land.
ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ
Yes.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆଡଜେସେଣ୍ଟ ହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ହେଲା
Your Lordship.
ଆଡଜେସେଣ୍ଟ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ହେଲା
We are occupying that land for
why are you occupying that land
since
You
100
be-
years, 100 years.
ହେଲା 100 ହଉ ତ 200 ହେଲା
And like,
100 ଫଣ୍ଡେଡ କିଛି ଶୁଣାଯିବନି
Lordship, like us,
ଯଦି ଯଦି ଅକୁପାଇ କରିଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ମ୍ୟୁଟେଟ୍ କରିଥାନ୍ତେ ମ୍ୟୁଟେଟ୍ କାଇଁ କଲେନି ଯାଇକି ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିଥାନ୍ତେ
Lordship, like,
ସେଟେଲ କରିଥାନ୍ତେ ତାପରେ ଯାହା mutate
like
ହେଇଗଲା,
us,
ଆମେ କିଛି କରିବୁ
like us, Your Lordship, all the villagers are enclosed that land, but due to
ऑल दी
political-
विलेजेस से मुझे मतलब नहीं मेरे सामने जो बंदा है खड़ा उसी से मतलब है
And Your Lordship,
Ah.
coming to the notice, Your Lordship, there is no encroachment case has been initiated. Directly only PR issued and 7 days notice. That was not in the law. That is law.
କେତେ ଦିନ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଦିଅନ୍ତି କି
For 30 days inform B that the notice is also wrong, Your Lordship. And
ଯେ ଏଭିକ୍ଟ ଯୋଉ ମାନଙ୍କ ଏନକ୍ରୋଚର ମାନଙ୍କୁ ସେମିତିଆ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଦିଆହବ
let him approach the sub collector
ଦେବେ ଆଉ
let him approach the sub collector
you approach the collector the petitioner to approach the sub collector under section
12
12
आगे
yes, Your Lordship. Under section 12.
12 1
12(1) and the sub collector shall take up the issue at the earliest possible It should approach sub collector within 1 week. 1 week. And the sub collector should immediately take up the issue and also decide the interim relief in accordance with law till the matter is taken up by the sub collector.
Yes.
No course. Next.
Item 4.
The petitioners are the small shopkeepers
Where?
under Aikya Gram Panchayat, Kandhamala district.
Adivasi.
Well,
These people are Adivasi.
Adivasi people. They were running their business in the roadside manner. The sub collector, they settled them in the new place that which they are running there. The sarpanch entered with
Adivasi कोड है साहू के बेटे आदिवासी चाहिए मिच्छा कथा बड़ा कोड
Adivasi.
वो पचाले यार दे आदिवासी
Some
ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ହଁ
साहू कला आदिवासी साहू रो के बेटे आदिवासी लेनी
ତେଲି ହେଇଥିବ।
आज्ञा अब ଏତିକି ତ
ଆଉ ତେଲି ବା
ଆଇଡିଆ ଅଛି କୋଉ
ତେଲି ମୁଁ-
କୋଉ ସରନେମ୍ ରେ କୋଉ କି
ତମେ
ଆଦିବାସୀ
ତ ଆମର ଆଡକୁ
Telling
ମଣିଷର କଣ ଗୋଟେ ଜାତି ଅଛି ମଣିଷ ଗୋଟେ ଜାତି
they were running their business in the roadside manner. The sub collector in 2000, in the year 2000, they set
what business they are running
चा दुकान उंडा दुकान ये सब छोट छोट दुकान सब पान दुकान
ଦୋକାନ କି ଆପଣ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ର ଜାଗା ଆପଣ ନିଜେ ବନେଇଛନ୍ତି ଘର
ना बनेଛୁ से जगह ଦେଇଥିଲା ମୁଁ
କି ଜାଗା ଦେଇଥିଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଆଉ legal ଜାଗା
एग्रीमेंट ହେଇଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା annexure 1 city ରେ ଏଗ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ
କାହା ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଏଗ୍ରିମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲା
ସରପଞ୍ଚ ଇଜ ଦ
ଯୋଉ ସରପଞ୍ଚ କଣ ତା ଜମି
ରେଗୁଲାରଲି ପେଇଂ ଦ ରେଣ୍ଟ
this is lease
ଲିଜ ସରପଞ୍ଚ ଦେଇଛି
ତେଣୁ
ଏ ତ ତହସିଲଦାର ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ତହସିଲଦାରକୁ ଆମେ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ
ଏଇ ସବ କଲେକ୍ଟରଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
ନା ନା some other petitioners who had approached this honorable court and the honorable court has disposed of the matter to approach this Tahsildar Miller. Till then, stay is there. I have quoted the order. Entire
Where?
order I have
ଆଜ୍ଞା
quoted.
କୋର୍ଟ କାଇଁ କରନ୍ତି
Court ଅଛି court କରି ଚଢେ
କୋର୍ଟ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କୋର୍ଟ ଫୋର୍ଟ ଚଳିବନି ମୋଟର ମୋଟର ପୁରା ପ୍ରପର ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଖିବେ କୋର୍ଟ ଫୋର୍ଟ ନାହିଁ
in addition ଦଉଛି court କିନ୍ତୁ କରିଦେଇଛି
ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ କୋର୍ଟ କରିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ଗୋଟେ 180 ସବକିପର ଗୋଟେ ଗ୍ରୁପ ଆସିଥିଲେ ଗୋଟିଏ ନୋଟିସ ଖାଲି ଗୋଟିଏ ଡେଟ୍ ଅଫ ନୋଟିସ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ତାକୁ ଖାଲି ଲାଞ୍ଚ ହେଇଯାଇକି ଯାଇଛି
4 ନମ୍ବର ନା
ତାପରେ ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
4 ନମ୍ବର ଏଟା
4 ନମ୍ବର
ଆପ୍ରୋଚ ତହସିଲଦାର ତ
ତହସିଲଦାର ଖେଲା ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟେସନ ଦବାକୁ ତହସିଲଦାର କିଛି ତ
ନେକ୍ସଟ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ତହସିଲଦାର କୁ କଲେ 7 days ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ଅର୍ଡର ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କର 7 days till taken up
7 days within approach କରିବେ next
Item number 5.
May I please, your lordship, my lord. Petitioner is brother at the corner of plot number 441, 439, 422, my lord. In Hall settlement, it was raised to
my lord
for
my petition is
କଣ ଅଛି ଏଟା କଣ ମିସୁଟା
no prayer
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏ ହାଲ ଫାଲ ପଛେ କହିବେ ଆଉ କଣ ଇସୁଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ
no prayer
what is the issue
କାଇଁ ଦଉନୁ
what is the issue
my lord, our plot wrongly has been recorded as a road, my lord. And
your
that
plot is
notice-
recorded as road
Yes, that notice has been sent for the eviction, my lord, by the annexure 2. And for that wrong recording, we have filed a revision petition by the annexure 1 that is pending. My lord.
where
Annexure 1, my lord. Before
where is
the
it pending before the additional
collector.
Goes and then let that be.
Legally decision taken, my lord, I maybe.
Okay. Whether we're going to the revision application of the petitioner being SRP number 144 of 2024 pending before the court of collector additional commissioner consideration of settlement Mahapada. Let the said SRP be disposed of within a period of 1 month from the date of the presentation of the order and the tabulation of the negotiation.
Right.
Next.
Item 6.
Item
Item
six.
6, may I please, lordships? In this particular application, the petitioner challenges the notice for removal of encroachment.
Sir, ସମସ୍ତେ ଏଇଟା ହେଲେ ସିଧା ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ କୁ ପଳେଇ ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ଅର୍ଡର ଟେ ନେଇକି ଚୁପଚାପ ପଳେଇ ଗଲେ ତାପରେ ସେ ମ୍ୟାଟର ସେଠି କଣ ହଉଛି ତାପରେ ସେଠି କଣ ହଉଛି ସେ ଯୋଉ ନେଇକି ପଡି ରହୁଛି ସେ ବର୍ଷ ବର୍ଷ ସେଠି କିଛି କଣ ହଉଛି ତାପରେ ମୋ ପାଖକୁ ଆସୁନି ନା ଆଇ ୱାଣ୍ଟ ଟୁ ଡେମୋଲିଶ ମୋ ପାଖକୁ କିଛି ଆସୁନି
ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତା ଦେହରେ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ମର୍ଡର ରହୁନି 7 ଦିନ ପରେ
ଡେମୋଲିଶ ହଉଛି ଦେଖୁନି କୋଉ ଡେମୋଲିଶ ହବାର
ସେ ଜାଣିଥିଲେ I don't know. I don't have any.
ମାନେ ରିଭିଜନ ପରେ ତ ଏଠିକି ଆସିବା କଥା ନା
ଆସିବା କଥା
ଗୋଟେ ବି ରିଭିଜନ ପରେ ଏଠିକି
ନାଇଁ ତାର ଦିଟା ଫରମ ଅଛି
ଗଲା କୁଆଡେ
ତାର ଦିଟା ଫରମ ଅଛି ଗୋଟେ
କୋଉ
ଗୋଟେ
forum?
ସବ କଲେକ୍ଟର ଗୋଟେ ତାପରେ ପୁଣି ଯିବେ
କଲେକ୍ଟର
କଲେକ୍ଟର ପରେ ଆସିବ ତ ସମୟ ଲାଗିବନି
ଏଠିକି ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ଆପଣ 2 ମାସ ହେଲା ମାସେ ହେଲାଣି ଧରିଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ
ଆଗରୁ ଏତେ ଆଗରୁ ତ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ତ ଚାଲିଥିଲା ଆଗରୁ ନା
ହଁ
ଫିର ଆଗରୁ କାହିଁ ଗୋଟେ ଭିତରେ ସେମିତି ଆସୁନି ସେଇଟା ନାହିଁ ଡିଭିଜନର ଆଗେନ୍ଷ୍ଟ କିଛି ଆସୁନି ଲଗାଅ ସେମିତି 10-15ଟା ଭାଙ୍ଗିଆ
ଯାହା ତ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଲାଣି କେଞ୍ଚୁଛି ପ୍ରେୟାର କଣ ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ଦେଲେଣି ରିଲିଫ
ସେ ଆଉ
ପ୍ରେୟାର ହିଁ ନାହିଁ
ରିଲିଜ ଦେଲା ପରେ ବି ବିନା ଇଏରେ
ସେ କରୁ ସେ ରିଟ୍ କୋର୍ଟ ଆଣ୍ଡ
ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 6, Malas. Malas, the petitioner challenges the notice for removal of unauthorized occupation mallards by the NHAI mallards. Malas, the ROR,
ଆପଣ କିଏ ଆଜ୍ଞା
I am the holder of that
Encroacher.
property. I am being categorized 6.
encroacher
I am being categorized as an encroacher, mallards.
then what are you then
Mallards, I have rightful possession over that property with due ROR. Mallards, may kindly see. I have the ROR in my name, mallards. It is
so
that.
how what is the sanctity of ROR sir ROR what is the sanctity
Mallards, may kindly also see. I have annexed the Kabbalah which is in my favor.
ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
The
କମଲା
mutation which is in my
କମଲା ଧରିକି ବୁଲୁଥାନ୍ତୁ
with the mutation which is in my favor. The
କମଲା
conversion,
ଧରିକି ତସଲା ଧରିକି ବୁଲୁଥାନ୍ତୁ
the
ଚାରିଆଡେ
conversion is also in my favor, mallards.
ନାଚନାଲ ଆହୁରି ଆପଣ 7-8 ଦି ଜଣ
ତାର ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ
ଆସିଲେଣି ସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଲ
ଆପଣ ଇଏ NHAI କୁ ଆପ୍ରୋଚ କରିଥିଲେ
Mallards, the
Kong
similar
will-
matters are fixed on August 30th, Mallards. Yesterday, Mr. Kanungo was also arguing two matters.
କଣ
Similar matters, Mallards, where the notice has been challenged. Mallards. It has been,
Notice itself is directed to approach the director.
that is a 7 days notice when a parallel proceeding.
Director?
You also may kindly see page 63. Oh, see batch case also.
Batch case. August 30th.
ସିରିଜରେ ଆସୁନି ସାର୍ ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଗୋଟେ ଗଲା ଆଉ ରଖି ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ରଖିବା ନାହିଁ ଆଉ ବୁଡାଇ
There are points, Mallards. Right.
କିଛି ପଏଣ୍ଟ ନାହିଁ ତମ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ ତମ ଘରେ ରଖିଥ ସେମିତି ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ କିଛି ଶୁଣି
Genuine.
ଏନକ୍ରୋଚର ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ କଣ ଆର୍ଗୁମେଣ୍ଟ
The Mallards, the
Road
whole
ପାଇଁ
point
କିଛି
is the
ନିଜ ଘର ବି ଯାଇପାରି କେତେବେଳେ
when I am a particular person.
have you heard the concept of eminent domain
Eminent domain is
dominant
there. They may.
Yes, I want to note on
Yes, madam.
so eminent domain ରେ ଯଦି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଚାହିଁବ କରିବେ ଯଦି
So they have to acquire mallards. I need to be compensated for that.
encroacher then why should the government
I
acquire
am not mallards. That is my whole case.
Then if he's not an enclosure then
Yes,
there is a
that is what. Mallards.
ସେଟା ଦେଖାଯାଏ ଦେଖାଯିବ ହେଲା
that
ସେଟା ଦେଖାଯିବ next
7 also same matter.
77 next
Deeply obliged. Mallards.
Item number 9.
9
Lordship, the petitioner is a landless person and eviction notice has been served. This is the third round litigation. The encroachment case is,
ଏଇ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ କଣ କରିବି
that is correlated, Your Lordship. In both the three cases, earlier petitions, The encroachment number is same. Whenever an order is passed, the PR number the Tahsildar changes and initiate proceeding against us. And the latest, your lordship, the
What is, you are the encroacher.
yes, your lordship.
Kete land.
Encroachment appeal
Kete land.
100 decimal, your lordship.
100 decimal.
100 decimal.
100 decimal.
1000 decimal is the acre here. 100 decimal I have encroached. And
Oh, no.
right,
One thousand something.
Huh?
40,000 something.
30,000 ମାନେ ଅଧା ଏକର ପାଖାପାଖି।
No,
ନାଇଁ, ଗୋଟେ ଏକର।
ନା 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 ଏପଟ ନାହିଁ
41,000
ଖୋର୍ଦ୍ଧା ଖୋର୍ଦ୍ଧା ପଟେ 1000 decimal ଗୋଟେ ଏକର।
ହିସାବ କଲେ ଭଲ।
ହିସାବ
ନା ଗଡ଼ବଡ଼
ଗୋଟେ
କରୁଛ।
decimal
ନା ନା
230
ନାଇଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଘର ସେପଟେ ବା।
35 into 100 ହେଲେ ତ 4,300
1 decimal equal to କେତେ square feet?
430
1 decimal
435
କେତେ?
432 43
ଆମର 18 ସେପଟେ 18 decimal ଗୁଣ୍ଠେ।
433 square feet ହଉଛି ଗୋଟେ decimal। 433 ହଁ 100 ହେଲେ 43,000
43,300 square feet ହେଲାଣି ଆଉ ଏକରରେ ଉପରେ ହେଲାଣି ଆମ
ନା ନା ନା
କଟକ
କଟକ
ଏକର
ନୁହଁ
41,000
କଟକ ଏକର ନୁହଁ
ଆଉ ସେଠି
ଏଟା
କେତେ
ଖୋର୍ଦ୍ଧା
ଏକର?
1000
ବେକାର କଥା କୁହନି ଏତେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହବନି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା 1000
କଟକ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ କେତେ change?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ରହୁଛି ଆମ ଘର ସେପଟେ
କେତେ
ସେପଟେ
କେତେ
କଟକ ଟା ପୁରା ଅଲଗା ଏପଟ ସାଇଡ ଟା 4 decimal ଏଠି ଗୁଣ୍ଠେ ସେପଟେ 18 decimal ଗୁଣ୍ଠେ
ଯାହା ବି ହେଲେ ଏକରେ ନହେଲା ବି ଏତିକି ସ୍କୋୟାର ଫିଟ୍
1/10 of 1 acre 1/10 of 1 acre I am eligible to that as per 7B your lordship
ଆପଣ କଣ ଏଲିଜିବଲ୍ କଣ କି
I am a landless category and
ଲେସ୍ କଟରେ ଏକର ଏକର ଧରିକି ବସିଥିବ
acre no 1/10 of acre
1/10 ମାନେ କେତେ କେତେ ସ୍କୋୟାର ଫିଟ୍ କେତେ ସ୍କୋୟାର ଫିଟ୍ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆଗ
square foot ସେଟା ମୁଁ ଦେଇଛି 10
43,000 ସ୍କୋୟାର ଫିଟ୍
10 ଗୁଣ୍ଠ ବୋଲି ଲେଖି
ରେ ଗୁଣ୍ଠା ଫୁଣ୍ଟା ମୁଁ
10
ଜାଣିନି
ଗୁଣ୍ଠ ହେଲେ କେତେ ହେଲାଣି?
ଗୋଟେ ବୁଝେ ମୁଁ ଆଇ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ଗୁଣ୍ଠ ମୁଣ୍ଠ
784
ମୋ 43,000
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ସ୍କୋୟାର ଫିଟ୍ ଗୋଟେ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡଲେସ୍ ଲୋକ ଏତେ ଗରିବ ଲୋକ
784 784 square foot
ଫୁଟ୍
ହେଲା per ଗୁଣ୍ଠ your
they
lordship
can do anything
Sa-
let them do
ସାତରୁ
ଉଡା ଉଡା
your
Let
lordship
him approach the sub collector.
lordship kindly have
ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
your lordship for a moment your
ଗାଡିକୁ
lordship
ବସିକି
I'm
ସହ
taking
landless.
I'm taking
Approach
your
କରନ୍ତୁ
lordship
settlement
your
ଲାଗି
your lordship kindly see page
ମୁଁ କିଛି
70
ଦେଖିବିନି
One-
ସେଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ସିଧା
A
ସବୁ
encroacher
for
cannot
one-
improve his case.
settle
ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
in
ସେଠି
favor of
ଯିବେ
us
କାହିଁ ଯିବେନି
ସେଠିକୁ ଯିବେ ନା?
and your
ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
lordship
sub-collector ପାଖକୁ।
the sub-collector held that
Sub-collector
we are a
said,
landless
"What?
person
What?"
and remitted the matter back to for fresh inquiry.
ତ फिर
Again, your lordship, they have initiated another proceeding in another peer. We have
Huh?
got stay order from this honorable court. And
ଏଇ honorable court ତ stay କରିଦବ ସବୁକୁ ଆଉ।
the Tahsildar playing
କୋଉଠି
tricks with
stay?
the,
Where is the stay?
your lordship,
Where is the stay?
your lordship, the recent stay, your lordship.
Where is the stay?
Yes, yes, your lordship.
So contempt.
Your lordship, kindly see page 22. This honorable court on
ଆଉ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ
27.
ଦିସ୍ ଅନରେବୁଲ କୋର୍ଟ ମତେ ପେଜ ଟା ଦେଖେ ଆଗ ତାପରେ ଆପଣ ଇଏ କଲେନି କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କରିବେ
Your lordship, see,
Why didn't you
he initiated another peer. The encroachment case number is same. He initiated another peer to playing tricks with the.
I am not going to do anything.
ଏଇଟା
If you have
ଏଇଟା
problem,
ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ
approach.
contempt court.
Otherwise you go wherever you want to go. I am not
Court
going to
contempt court ରେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ।
Your lordship, kindly see the
Will
eviction.
go
କେମିତି କରୁଛନ୍ତି?
Kindly see the eviction notice, your lordship.
Have you made him party personally? The Tahsildar you are accusing him?
Kind,
He should appear himself. I will not appear for it.
To approach the
If he is doing
sub-collector.
tricks.
Sub-collector in you want to settle the land in your name.
yes, your lordship.
Under which section?
Under section 7B.
8A.
Sub-collector shall
8A, my lord.
8A.
हाल कहिए
7B रे ଆମେ eligible ହଉ।
वर्षा करिए बने ये देखो उल्टा पुल्टा करके पड़ेगा
7B ରେ ଆମେ eligible ହଉ। Sorry.
रुआंदो देखिए AF construction 8 judgment for more than 30 years कितने वर्ष आलाने
30 over 30 years.
under 8A and the sub-collector the sub-collector shall sorry the Tahsildar the Tahsildar Bolagad
Yes, sir.
shall decide the shall dispose of the said the case within 1 month from the date of presentation of this order in accordance to Allah.
Your lordship, no coercive action till date.
Till the
Your
matter
lordship,
is taken up by the Tahsildar shall not be any coercive action.
your lordship kindly mention the encroachment case number. Otherwise, he will initiate another peer and proceed against us.
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ସେ ରେଭିନ୍ୟୁ ସେକ୍ରେଟାରୀ ଥରେ ମତେ ଡାକନ୍ତୁ, ମତେ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦେବେ ଯେତେ ଅର୍ଡର ଯାଉଛି କୋର୍ଟରୁ କେତେ ଦିନ ଭିତରେ ସେମାନେ ସେଟା ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରି ତାପରେ ଗୋଟେ ଡିଟେଲ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଦେବୁ ହେଲା। ବିଲ୍ କୁ ସେଟା କରିକି ତାପରେ ଲେଟ୍ ମି ମୋ ପାଖକୁ ଗୋଟେ ବି ଆସୁନି କାହିଁକି ତାପରେ
ଆସିବ ଆସିବ ଆପଣ
କାଇଁ
ଅଟକ
ଆସୁନି?
ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି କାଇଁ?
ଖାଲି ଆସିକି ଏଠି ଷ୍ଟେ ନେଇକି ପଳେଇବେ।
ସବୁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ଆସିବ, ଆସିବନି କେମିତି ଯିବ?
ଏଇଠି
ଇଏ ତ ମହାଦେବ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସବୁ ଆସି
Lordship kindly mention the encroachment
Apu.
case number 53/26, 53/2016.
ଗୋଟେ ଆସିଲା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଆପଣ ଫିଜ୍ ପାଇବେ ନା। ଯେତେ ଆସିବ ଆପଣ ସେତେ ଫାଇଦା।
ଆପଣ ତ ଛାଡି ଦଉନା ପୁରା ସାଥ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ।
ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲି କେମିତି ଛାଡ଼ିଦେଲି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ବୁଲିକି ଆସିବେ।
ରିପୋର୍ଟ ରେ ବସିଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଜଜ୍, ତମେ ତାକୁ ଯଦି କହିବ ଯେ ଆପଣ
ଆଉ କେତେ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଦେବି କି? ଆଉ କଣଟା କରିବି? ଆଉ ମୁଁ ରିସେଟ୍ କରିବି ଏଇଟା?
କଣ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରିବେ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ରେ ବସିକି?
ନାଇଁ ଏଇଠି କଣ ଏଇଥିରେ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରିହବ?
କିଛି କରିହବନି।
Eligible ଠିକ ଅଛି, ଠିକ ଅଛି।
This court can't decide.
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
ଆଠୁ କଣ ଭଲ order ହବ?
We are very much satisfied. No evils. I'm very much satisfied. Your Lordship kindly mention the encroachment case number
ସାର୍ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ସାର୍
53 of 2016. Otherwise, you will need to
ଆପଣ ଡ୍ରାଫ୍ଟ ପିଟିସନ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ନା ତ ଫିର ୱାର
ସେଇଟା ଲେଖା ହେଇ ନଥିଲା ବୋଲି ପୁଣି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କରିଦେଲେ ପରା। ଏବେ ନେଇ
ପିଟିସନ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ନା ନାହିଁ?
ମୁଁ ଲେଖିଛି ଯେ ସେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କରିଦେଇଛି।
ଲେଖିଦବ ନେକ୍ସଟ
May I
Item
please,
10.
may I please, Your Lordship?
10
First mistake was stay for execution or immutable mandate.
huh?
First mistake is immutable mandate.
What is the NBW for?
Order dated 26/4/22
कौन
and
ପାଇଁ NBW?
within 1 month से surrender करलानी तेणु करे से
କାଇଁ
immutable
କଲେନି?
ऐसे जानना knowledge नଥିଲା जाके
ଏ ଗୋଟେ ତ ବାହାନା ନଲେଜ ନଥିବ ଆପଣ
Check
କାଇଁ ଜଣେଇଲେନି?
नहीं conducting council is dead.
କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟର କାଉନ୍ସିଲ କାଇଁ ଜଣେଇଲାନି?
Dead ହେଇଗଲା ସେ ଆମେ through the ଭଞ୍ଜନଗର
He died.
IS
He died.
हाँ
So
then ଆମେ କେସ୍ query କରିକି appeal dismiss.
okay, another 1 week time I'm granting. Go and surrender. Hello? 1 week time.
Well,
ठीक है 10 days.
1 week time.
another miscase for bail matter. Second one.
ଆଗ ସରେଣ୍ଡର କରନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ବେଲ୍ କଥା ଶୁଣିବି। ଆଗ ସରେଣ୍ଡର ଟା ହେଲା ନ ବିନା
Go and surrender first.
2 weeks please.
10 days. ହଁ 10 days ଆଗ ସରେଣ୍ଡର କରନ୍ତୁ ଭିତରେ ଟିକେ ହାୱା ଖାଆନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ଆସିବେ ବେଲ୍ ପାଇଁ।
Surrender release.
ହଁ ସରେଣ୍ଡର କରିଛି
ନାଇଁ।
ଆଗ କରନ୍ତୁ ସରେଣ୍ଡର ଆଗ କଲା ପରେ ଆସିବେ
ଗୋଟେ ଥର ଆଠଥର କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ବିନା ସରେଣ୍ଡର ବେଲ୍ କଣ ଇଏଟା ଏଟା କଣ ଏ
307
307
ଓଡିଆ
3 years year condition.
ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଆଗ ଭିତରକୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ଦେଖିବେ ଭିତରୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଆଗ ସରେଣ୍ଡର କରନ୍ତୁ 10 days ଭିତରେ 10 days ଭିତରେ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ଦେଖିବେ ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ବେଲ୍ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଟ କରିବି ନା ମୁଁ ଚିନ୍ତା କରିବି ହେଲା
surrender ଭିତରେ
ହଁ
10 ଦିନ
ପଶୁ ଭିତରକୁ କ୍ରାଇମ କରିବା ଭିତରକୁ ଯିବନି
appeal ସେ ଜାଣିନଥିଲା
ଜାଣିନଥିଲା ଏବେ ଦେଲି ପରେ ଟାଇମ୍ 10 days within 10 days you have to go and surrender ଆଉ କଣଟା ଦରକାର ତମକୁ ଆଉ କଣ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ
ଗୋଟେ ହାତୀ
କଣ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହାତୀ ଫାତୀ ପଠେଇଦେବି ଚଢିକିରି ଆସିବ ବାବୁ ଆସିକି ସରେଣ୍ଡର କରିବେ ଏ ବି ଦରକାର କି ନହେଲେ ଘୋଡାଟେ ପଠେଇ ଦଉଛି
ଚଲେଇ ଜାଣିଥିଲା ହେଲା ପୁଣି ସେ ବାଉରିଆ ଘୋଡା ହେଇଥିବ ନେଇ ପଳେଇବ
କଣ କରିବ ଘୋଡା ଧରିକି ପଳେଇବ
Lordship order may be uploaded today.
ଆରେ ସାର୍ ଦିଆଯିବ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ वरी ଅଲ୍ अर्जेंट मैटर्स वे आर
କାଲି eviction date ଟା ତ ଆଜି ଟିକେ upload ହେଇଗଲା।
10 ଏଟାକୁ 10 ଦିନ ପରେ 10 days 10 days
ମାନେ
କୁହା ହଉଛି ମୁଁ ଦିଆ ହଉଛି ବୋଲି ଆପଣ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିପାରୁନି ଏଭ୍ରି ଡେ वी आर ଲୋଡିଂ
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ଅନ୍ୟ
ମାନେ
ନ ଜାଣିଥିଲେ ଆପଣ ଜାଣିବେ ନା ଆଉ
ମାନେ surrender go and bail man.
ନାଇଁ
ସରେଣ୍ଡର ଆଗ କରନ୍ତୁ ସାର୍ ଗୋ ଅନ୍ ବେଲ୍ ପଛରେ ଆଗ ସରେଣ୍ଡର ନ କରି ଗୋ ଅନ୍ ବେଲ୍
ଆଉ 10ଟା ଗଛ ଲଗେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତା ଭିତରେ
ସରେଣ୍ଡର ଆଗ କର ତାପରେ ବେଲ୍ ରେ ମୁଁ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଲଗେଇ ଦେବି
ଆଉ 10ଟା ପ୍ରଥମେ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ
ଆଗ ସରେଣ୍ଡର କରନ୍ତୁ ବେଲ୍ ରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ 500 ଗଛ ଲଗେଇବା ପାଇଁ କହିବି ତାପରେ ଆସିବି ହେଲା ଆଗ ସରେଣ୍ଡର କରନ୍ତୁ
ମାନେ ଆଜି 10 ଦିନ surrender କରି bail
କୋଉ ଗାଁ ରହି
ଭଞ୍ଜନଗର
ଭଞ୍ଜନଗର ନା ସେ ଭଞ୍ଜନଗର ବହୁତ ଜାଗା ଅଛି ଲଗେଇବ
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ surrender କରି bail ଯାଉ ତାପରେ
ବିଲକୁଲ ନାହିଁ ଆଉ ସରେଣ୍ଡର ଆଗ କରନ୍ତୁ
surrender କରିବ
କରିବ କଣ ଦୟା ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ନା
ନାଇଁ କରିବ ଆଉ go and bail
ସରେଣ୍ଡର
ଦିନ କମେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ନଥିଂ ଡୁଇଂ ଆଗ ସରେଣ୍ଡର
ଭଲ ଅର୍ଡର ପାଇସାରିଲୁଣି
ଆଗ ସରେଣ୍ଡର କରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ
Lawyer should know what
ନାଁ
is
ମନେ ରଖିଥାଏ ନାଁ ଲେଖିକି ରଖିତ ଏ ଲୋକ ସରେଣ୍ଡର କଲା ପରେ ଛାଡ଼ିବନି 3 ମାସ ରଖିବି ତାପରେ ମୋ ପାଖକୁ ଆସିବ ବେଶୀ ସରେଣ୍ଡର କରିକି ଯଦି ଷ୍ଟାଇଲ ମାରୁଛ ବେଶୀ ଆଉ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ କହିଦେବେ ସରେଣ୍ଡର କରୁ ସେ ଫାଷ୍ଟ କରୁ ସରେଣ୍ଡର ତାପରେ କଥା ବୁଝି ହେଲା ଆଉ ରେଡି ଥିବ 500 ଗଛ ଲଗେଇବା ପାଇଁ 500 ଗଛର ଫଟୋ ଆଣିକି ଦେଖିଲା ପରେ ଯେ ହେଲା ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 11.
You have just now filed that they have complied the order.
See the last
Mr.
order. What order?
there is that
Road.
Road. We have to inspect, my lord.
Let them inspect
you inspect
Yes, ma'am.
land council for the
any day after 50.
SPCB submit that the SPCB 6 how much time you want
Your lordship, 2 weeks.
2 weeks time to inspect the road constructed by the petitioner
Opinion.
as reflected in the affidavit filed by the petitioner on
Director of the petitioner comes.
filed by the petitioner
Responsible.
company,
Already.
petitioner company on କେବେ
Aji କରିକି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ. But they have completed, that's what they have stated.
this in our system we don't have any date
No, date nahi.
date କାଇଁ ଲେଖିବେନି
I'm sorry. my lord.
date ନିହାତି
ରହିବା କଥା. I'm sorry.
ତଳେ
my
ତ
lord.
date ଟେ ଲେଖିବା କଥା
No.
So lordships, allow me, I'll
how
just.
the advocate clerk will do this
No,
Sign the identify-
identification. The director has a.
28 2024 dated 2024 list the matter on 18
A good quality.
18
Oh, yes, lords.
file
Obliged.
capital record next
Item 12.
12
My lord, the government take time for instructions.
12 କଣ ହେଲା?
Previous-
ଏଥିରେ ମତେ ଟିକେ ସମୟ ଟିକେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 12/8
କଣ ଟେ?
ଚିଠି
What is it?
ଦେଇଥିଲେ
My lord, Opel matter.
Representation ଟା
Opel matter.
ଆଚ୍ଛା,
representation ଟା
OPL matter ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି ଯେ କଣ ହେଇଛି
Is-
representation ଟା କାହିଁକି dispose of ହେଇନି ପଚାରିଥିଲେ କିଛି ସମୟ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Is not.
ଗୋଟେ
Is not. Is my lord, is
Representation ଦେଇଥିଲେ?
is notice ପାଇଥିଲୁ
କେବେ representation ଦେଇଥିଲେ
12/2/2023. My lord.
ଦେଇଥିଲେ decide ହେଇନି।
Yes,
ଟିକେ
ma'am.
ସମୟ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Yes, ma'am.
ମୁଁ
Land
ଚିଠି
Council
କରିଥିଲେ
state to take instruction 11th September
Yes.
ଆପଣ ସେ ଇଏ ତହସିଲଦାର ଦେଇଥିଲେ କୋଉଠି ଦେଇଥିଲେ
Yes, my lord. ତହସିଲଦାର ରାଇଘର
Hmm?
ତହସିଲଦାର ରାଇଘର ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁର ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ
ତହସିଲଦାର
ରାଇଘର ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁର
ରାୟଗଡ଼
ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ
ରାୟଗଡ଼
ନବରଙ୍ଗପୁର ଡିଷ୍ଟ୍ରିକ୍ଟ
ସେ ତହସିଲଦାର ଟିକେ ପଚାରିବେ ଏତେ ଦିନ କଣ ପାଇଁ ରିସିଭ୍ କରିନି ରିପିଟେସନ
କରିଦବୁ ଏଇଟା ପଚାରିଲେ
କରିଦବ ନା ଏତେ ଦିନ 23 ସରିବାକୁ ବସିଲାଣି 1.5 ବର୍ଷ
ପଚାରିଲି
ରିପିଟେସନ
ପଚାରିଲି
ask him and otherwise he has to be present
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ପଚାରିଲି
if you are not satisfied with the answer tell him to be present in the virtual
if your lordship believes me I will definitely after
tell
this
him to be present
20 item finish I will
କହନ୍ତୁ ସିଧା present
Call
ଆଜି କଲ୍
ପଚାର।
କରିକି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଯେ you have to be present ସେ ଦେଲେ ବି ରିପ୍ଲାଏ ସେ present ରହିବ I want to
ଗୋଟେ ଥର ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
एक बार गुफ्तगू करना चाहता
ନାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ଥର କରନ୍ତୁ ଗୁପ୍ତକୁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ହବ
another next
Another
next
another day.
Item 13.
13
Last occasion, Your Lordship has directed the state to take instruction as to my representation at Annexure 2 series.
what is the representation for
Opposite party number 4 has encroached 2 government plots, thereby hindering the public as well as me. So that is how.
ଚାଲେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କଣ ଅଛି ପଢି କହନ୍ତୁ ନା
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ସେଇଟା ଅଛି ଆଉ
କଣ ହେଇଛି
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେ
ସେ କଣ ପାଇଁ action ନେଇନି
ନେଇଛି ଟିକେ ସମୟ
କଣ
ବୋଧେ
action ନେଇଛି
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ prior to the filing of this incident writ application one
କଣ
encroachment
କହନ୍ତୁ ଏତେ ଗପ ମୁଁ
the eviction notice filed from
ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ ପଢନ୍ତୁ କଣ action ନେଇଛି ଏତେ
ଟିକେ
ଗପ
ପଢୁଛି।
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ନମ୍ବର ବ୍ଲା 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 ବିଡେ ପିଟିସନ ନମ୍ବର ଏସବୁ ଛାଡି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସିଧା
ସେ
କଣ action
କହିଛି ଯେ as the rainy season is in continue one prohibitory order has been issued to the encroacher to vacate the suit land till the end of month September 2024. So September 2024 ଭିତରେ ତାକୁ
ମୋର
ତାପରେ ସେ
କେବେ
eviction
order
କରିବ
ତାକୁ ଦିଆଯାଇଥିଲା?
ହେଲା
Order ଟା କେବେ ମିଳିଥିଲା?
କୋଉ order ଟା
ତାକୁ ଭେକେଟ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କେବେ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଇଥିଲା? ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ କେବେ ଦେଇଥିଲା? କୋର୍ଟରୁ ତ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଇଛି ନା ଆଗ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଥିଲା ନା?
ନାଇଁ
ନା
first time.
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍
ତାକୁ
First
ସମୟ
time
ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଏଇ ସେପ୍ଟେମ୍ବର
ନାଇଁ,
ପରେ ଭାଙ୍ଗିଦେବେ
My only predicament is କି ସେମାନେ construction କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଜାଗା ଉପରେ। ଏବେ ବି construction ଚାଲିଛି। ଘର ଚାଲିଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା। ମେ ବି ସେମାନେ ଯୋଉ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ସେପ୍ଟେମ୍ବର ସୁଦ୍ଧା ଛାଡିଦେଲେ ମେ ବି
they are given it this is the instruction of the Tahsildar.
I'm
You are-
not disputing that. I'm
Arey.
କହୁଛି ଯେହେତୁ ଘର ଚାଲିଛି
See
ମେ
that-
distant order may be passed so that
ସେ ତ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସେପ୍ଟେମ୍ବର ସୁଦ୍ଧା ସେଟାକୁ ଭାଙ୍ଗା ହବ your lordship may take his
ତାହେଲେ
instruction
ଗୋଟେ ଟାଇମ ପିରିୟଡ ଫିକ୍ସ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
କନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଏଲାଉ କାହିଁ କରିବେ ଭଙ୍ଗା କାହିଁ ଭାଙ୍ଗିବେ?
yes Chinese
ଏଲାଉ ହିଁ କରିବେନି।
ନାଇଁ କଣ ହେଇଛି ସେପ୍ଟେମ୍ବର
କଣ ହେଇଛି ସେ କେମିତି ଯାଇକିରି ମୁଁ
ତହସିଲଦାର ଭଦ୍ରକୁ ପଚାରୁଛି
gone there and visited the spot.
Who?
What happened?
ତହସିଲଦାର
ତହସିଲଦାର ହେଲା କି assistant ତହସିଲଦାର ହେଲା
he has
କି
given a
additional
report
ତହସିଲଦାର ହେଲା
that
କି
the premises will be vacated by September 2024 your lordships may direct that's for the
There is a
instruction
time stipulation
you vacate it
as per the submission
Time
of
stipulation.
instruction
as per his own
compliance to the order dated
12/8/2024. 12/8/2024.
12/2024. 24.
24.
The Tahsildar Bhadrak has filed Bhadrak has stated in the compliance report submitting that the petitioner the opposite party number kete
4 years.
4 shall vacate the encroached land by end of September. However, the concept of the petitioner submit that the petitioners the construction activities of the petitioner is the opposite party number 4 is going alleges that the construction activities of the opposite party number 4 is going unabated and which is hindering this is your public
This is a public place. Your Lordship.
this hindering the public passage. Also. In view of such submission, this court directs the Tahsildar Bhadrak to ensure the vacation of the land by OP number 4 and also stop the construction activities
if any going on
if any.
Time limit ହେଇଗଲେ
If any.
right.
4 feet. Construction activity even stop construction activities 4 feet. Construction activity bracket.
ଏଟା ବଢିଆ ହେଲା
Dispose of.
much of
Next.
Item 14.
Next.
ସେଟା ତ ରଖିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ
Final.
May I please, your lordship? Your lordship, may kindly see annexure 1.
ତାର ଏମିତି ଏଇ ସବମିଶନ କରିବିନି ପୁରା
I'm
କଣ
sorry.
ଇସ୍ୟୁ ମୋ କୋର୍ଟରେ କହୁଛି
My
ବାରମ୍ବାର
issue is my lord on
ଇସ୍ୟୁ ପୁରା ଆଗ କହିବି
Oh,
କାଇଣ୍ଡଲି ସି ନେକ୍ସଟ ୱାନ୍ ଏଟା କଣ
over Noyanjari. I wanted to show the record of rights.
ନାଇଁ ଫାଷ୍ଟ
to
ଆପଣ
show-
ମତେ
yes.
ଇସ୍ୟୁଟା
I'm
କହିବି
sorry,
ତାପରେ
I'm
ରେକର୍ଡ
sorry.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
The
ଯାହା
issue is, my lord, the opposite party number 4 and 5 have constructed a house, got a
କିଏ
house.
ସେଟା ଆପଣ କିଏ ଫାଷ୍ଟ କୁହନ୍ତୁ who are you who
I-
are you
I am a co-villager.
who villager
My-
how are you affected
Well, affected means, my lord, due to construction of over the Noyanjari, what has happened, your lordship may also
କଣ
visualize.
କି ଫଟା
ନୟନଜୋରି ନାଳ ତ ପାଣିଟା ଯାଇପାରୁନି ସେଠି ରୋଡ ଉପରେ ଲଗିଂ ୱାଟର ଲଗିଂ ବହୁତ ଜୋର ହଉଛି ଆପଣ ବି ଦେଖିଥିବେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଇଏ ସାକ୍ଷୀ ଗୋପାଳ ମନ୍ଦିରକୁ ଗଲା ବେଳକୁ ସେ ଛକଟାରେ ଏଇ ବର୍ଷା ଦିନେ ତ କେହି ଯାଇପାରିବେ ଏତେ ପାଣି ହେଇଯାଉଛି ୱାଟର ଲଗିଂ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ସେଠି ତେଣୁ ସେ ନୟନଜୋରି ଉପରେ ହେଟା ତ ୱାଟର ପାସେସ୍ କଲେନି
ତହସିଲଦାର the
I'm ready.
Tahsildar of which
ସାକ୍ଷୀ ଗୋପାଳ
Sakshi Gopal to submit a report regarding the construction of what
construction of a house.
house
House.
at
Over
the
Nanj.
Nanjuri.
Over plot
Land.
number, yes.
Above plot number?
Plot number, your lordships. 128, 129.
128, 129.
Under khata number 450.
Some Nanjuri, Khata number 415. Stands recorded in the name of, which stands recorded in the
No,
government of
Purva
Orissa. The Tahsildar, Tahsildar Puri Sadar Aswa na?
No, my lord, that
Sakhi Gopal.
it is Sakhi Gopal now. It has been converted to Sakhi Gopal. I am sorry.
Sakhi Gopal.
I may be called.
Correct.
Yes.
Nala
No, Sakhi Gopal, your lords. It is Sakhi Gopal.
Pakka na?
Okay.
Tahsildar Sakhi Gopal to visit the spot. Visit the spot himself or by himself and file a report regarding the illegal construction on government land. By the said report shall be produced before this court by 12th September. This is the matter on 12th.
Diplo.
Let the report come. Next.
Item 16.
16.
To take the opposite party, file counter measure.
Filing में counter.
What is the issue यार counter rejoinder करते छोटा सा issue है कौन issue टा कौन counter rejoinder वैसा time waste हो चुका
The vehicle was.
what happened कौन case था
The vehicle was carrying empty cylinder. And that
carrying empty cylinder
empty cylinder that
Yes.
has been seized by the police. Whereas the vehicle had the permit issued in the name of the helper minor. That is they have filed counter today minor.
The vehicle who was driving the vehicle
Driver was filing, driver has filed.
but driver by vehicle drive করଥିଲା ଆଉ କଣ accident ହେଲା accident ହେଲା driver ନାରେ ଥିଲା ନଥିଲା ତ driver କେମିତି କରୁଥିଲା drive
That doesn't have a valid hazardous permit.
if you have two things first you should have a permit second the person who is driving such vehicle should have also a particular license or training certificate whatever
Driving license was there.
driving license ମାନେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ
Permit.
ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଗ୍ୟାସ ସିଲିଣ୍ଡର ମାନେ ଯୋଉ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ସ୍ପେଶାଲ ଗୋଟେ ଡ୍ରାଇଭିଂ ଲାଇସେନ୍ସ ଅଲଗା ମାନେ ଡ୍ରାଇଭିଂ ଲାଇସେନ୍ସ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ମିଳେ
No,
ସେଇଟା ଦରକାର
permit was there. I have.
where is the permit your permit don't have permit sir your helper permit ରେ ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ନିଜେ permit
I have filed rejoinder.
मैं भी ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର ଫିଜେଣ୍ଡର କିଛି ଶୁଣିବିନି ଆଜି ଆପଣ ଏଇଟା ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରିବି ଛାଡ ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର କଣ ଅଛି मैं तो ରିଜେଣ୍ଡର କାଉଣ୍ଟର
Rejoinder ଦବା ପାଇଁ ଲେଖା
କିଛି ଦେବିନି ଆଜି ଆଉ କିଛି ଦେବିନି argue the matter finish it
I have not.
Rejoinder is not a matter of right, sir.
Today
Counter is matter of right. Rejoinder is not matter of right.
in the court he has filed counter in served me today. Just now. I have not gone through the
argue କରନ୍ତୁ. My view is
My lord.
Rejoinder file କରନ୍ତୁ. October 8 matter କରନ୍ତୁ. October 8 चलो October. Next. October 8 लगा rejoinder file. अरे टाइम रीडर ଗୋଟେ केस है rejoinder काउंटर करू वर्ष लगाउछन तू छाड़. और 2 मिनिट रे से केस सरी. Next.
Item 17.
17.
Your lordship, the petitioner account has been freezed by the opposite party bank.
यार तुम्हारा अकाउंट फ्रीजिंग केबे खत्म नहीं होता
এটা similar order pass करथिले your lordship order your lordship.
अकाउंट फ्रीज है कोड का कोन उल्टा सीधा काम करिया আছে अकाउंट फ्रीज कोडे
नहीं नहीं
On behalf of Guru
Petitioner is not involved at all your lordship.
हां हमको तो जानते हैं
For a moment your lordship kindly see the
कौन करी को कारनामा करते मु जानि थी को हाई कोर्ट जानि नॉट इन्वॉल्व एट ऑल
paragraph 7 that you kindly paragraph 7 that if it will be found it is not then your lordship
क्लियर फॉर
On behalf of Guru करो.
बैंक बैंक इसके लिए बैंक ये फॉर द बैंक व्हाट इज योर स्टैंड व्हाट इज योर स्टैंड
I have yesterday, I have talked to.
Same order.
Dispose of next.
42 same.
Dispose of next.
Item 42 also same. In
42
another
भी same क्या करते
I
हैं?
look. I look this.
Next.
Item 18.
केते amount involve अछि?
ନାଇଁ ସେଟା ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ ଆକ୍ୟୁଜ already in custody.
केते amount involve अछि आपनकर?
ମୋର ପିଟିସନର ର ହଉଛି
केते amount? भाई अच्छा कोन पे तो जूनियर कोन पे हिज फाइल टिके देखि परबनी? କିଛି ଯୋଉଟା ପଚାରିଲେ କିଛି ଆନ୍ସର ଦେଇ ପାରୁନ ଛାଡ ଖାଲି ଆସିକି ଏଠି ମୋ ଦେଖେଇ ଆସିବ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ଡୁ ଦିସ୍ ଫାଇଲ ଟା କମ ସେ କମ ଅଫିସରେ ଟିକେ ଖେଳ ଫାଇଲ ଟା କଣ ଅଛି ଫାଇଲ ଟା ଟିକେ ଦେଖ ନାଇଁ ଆସିକି ଛିଡା ଆମେ
Five lakhs.
ନେକ୍ସଟ
5 lakhs.
5 लाख 5 लाख ଛାଡିକି ବାକି ରଖି ଡିଫ୍ରିଜ କରିଦବ 5 लाख ମାସ ରହିବ ଯଦି ନଥିବ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ 5 लाख ରଖିଦେବ
ନାଇଁ ଇଏ ଏଥିରେ ପିଟିସନର ଇନଭଲଭମେଣ୍ଟ କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
ନଥାଉ ମୁଁ କିଛି ଜାଣିନି dispose of 5 lakh maintain करियो लिखि दियो the petitioner to maintain 5 lakh rupees till the case is disposed of and the rest of the amount may be released
Another petitioner ଯୋଉଟା 42 item ରେ ତାର କମ ଅଛି 1 lakh something.
जे अपन जे
तार 1 lakh
से 1 lakh 42 कम माने केते
That is
हम तो ठीक करियो बुलवाल कर केते
ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଫିଗର ଟା ସେଟା ମୁଁ କହିପାରୁନି 1,30,000 ସମଥିଙ୍ଗ
2 lakh रखो बोलो 2 lakh
2 lakh नथिବ ତାର
2 lakh रखी बाकी तो सब स्टार्ट दे 2
2
lakh
lakh
खाओ
ना-
अपन अकाउंट रे बस
ନାଇଁ 2
you
lakh
have to maintain 2 lakh rupees
ନାଇଁ ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ
नाला
specific-
डिसमिस कर देबी
ନାଇଁ
straight
may pray
रखिबो ना नहीं 2 lakh रखो तापर जेतले अकाउंट तो केस सरीबो से
ସେଇଟା ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ଟୁ ୟୋର ଲର୍ଡସିପ କାଇଣ୍ଡଲି
ने
କନସିଡର
सब्जेक्ट आई डोंट हैव
ସେଟା
एनी
ଯାହା ଥିବ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ସେଟା ରହୁ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ
मु आ कोनटा कहूची की मु कहली 2 lakh rupees अकाउंट रे मेंटेन करिवे सेति की यू कैन टच
Yes.
rest of the amount you can withdraw no problem
ହଁ
हां because that case involves 2 lakh rupees dispute
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସେ ଯଦି କମ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଥିବ ସେ ପୁଣି ଡିପୋଜିଟ କରିବାକୁ ପଡିବ
करू करू करिवो
ନାଇଁ ଲର୍ଡସିପ କାଇଣ୍ଡଲି
ठीक करे काई कहू ना ताले
ସେଟା
केते अमाउंट इन्वॉल्वमेंट
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଷ୍ଟାଟସ
ठीक करे कहू ठीक करे कहू केते सर 42 एसबी
SBI
मिस्टर करो केते 42 रे केते अछि अमाउंट केते इन्वॉल्व अछि जो डिस्प्यूट ता मु सब ऑर्डर रे कोन करे जेति की अमाउंट इन्वॉल्व थाए सेति की अमाउंट मेंटेन करियो बाकी पैसा काट
दैट योर लॉर्डशिप में डायरेक्ट योर लॉर्डशिप जहां
दैट इज व्हाट आई हैव टोल्ड सर
नहीं
दैट इज आपण कोइ करू नांदी अमाउंट केते 2 लाख गुडे अप्रोक्सीमेट पेमेंट
जहां थिबो सेटा हमें वी कैन नॉट टच
जहा थिबो माने न क्लियर कलर से जहा थिबो बैंक आई मानी
ना सेटू जदी 2 लाख रु कम थिबो पुनी ताको डिपॉजिट करियो
करियो कोन ना करियो निज अकाउंट
बिकॉज़ ऑफ द पिटिशनर्स आर नॉट इन्वॉल्व एट ऑल इन दिस केस
आपण पैसा देखि नै जाउनी ना सेति मेंटेन कर रखा है खाली केही काढिबिनी मेंटेन ही रखा है तो जेतला केस कैन ऑल टच दैट अमाउंट प्रॉब्लम खाली सेटा को रखा है तो जस्ट टू
ताले से काली का सुमुडी नले 500 इंस्ट्रक्शन नै
2 लाख रखा मा एते कथा
2 लाख टा पुनी ताको डिपॉजिट
करियो कोन
अननेसेसरी ही विल
केते टका अछि
अगेन बर्डन
आपण भी जानना
लास्ट occasion but I instruction that a similar order it will pass
नो प्रॉब्लम से सिमिलर ऑर्डर कर दे जा
I know this. Next paragraph ta it will be found then
ठीक है फाउंड बाद नेगिर पळे छाछो फाउंड
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ଯିଏ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ ଆକ୍ୟୁଜ 3 ଜଣ ଯାକ ସବୁ କଷ୍ଟଡିରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ये रिलेशन ऑफ द पिटिशनर लॉर्ड्स
पैसा रे से तो पसंद ना मनी ट्रेलिंग इज को बाटर पैसा का कर जाय से आ ईडी कोनटा करेगी ईडी से ही करे मनी ट्रेलिंग करे नेक्स्ट
हेलो प्लस
Item 18.
My lord, the commandant is in person
18.
through VC.
हां यस यस आपण इलेक्शन ऑफिसर ना इलेक्शन ऑफिसर आपण इलेक्शन ऑफिसर तो अछंती बसंतु
कोंतु
आपण इलेक्शन ऑफिसर अछंती अच्छा आपण ये आपणकर बायलर रे कोठी लिखाई जी जे जणे लोक सस्पेंड हे गले सस्पेंशन रे थिले if a person is under suspension, he shall not be or he shall be dismembered. Code lagaj. Jodi suspend ହେଇଥିବ ସେ dismember ହେଇଯିବ କୋଉ clause ରେ ଅଛି ସେଟା ମତେ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ।
Sir, bylaw serial 4
ପଢନ୍ତୁ
सब ये F रे अछि sir.
ପଢନ୍ତୁ
For any misconduct.
ପଢନ୍ତୁ ପଢନ୍ତୁ
Sir, he is so ordered by the IG of police for committing any breach of these rules or any of the misconduct.
ତ ଆପଣ ଆଇଜିଏ ପୋଲିସ ର ଅର୍ଡର ଅଛି ଏ କେସ ରେ?
Sir, ଆମକୁ
ଆଇଜି ପୋଲିସ ର ଅର୍ଡର ଅଛି କି?
Sir, state police
ସାର୍
headquarters
ଜଷ୍ଟ ମିନିଟ୍ ମୋର ଆନ୍ସର ଯାହା କହୁଛି ମୋର ଯାହା ପଚାରୁଛି ସେଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଇଆଡେ ସେଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ। ଆଇଜି ଙ୍କର ଅର୍ଡର ଅଛି କି ସସ୍ପେନସନ ପାଇଁ? Where is the order of IG for suspension? IG ଙ୍କ ଅର୍ଡର କୋଉଠି ଅଛି? ଆପଣ ତ ସବୁ ନିଜେ ଦେଇଦେଲେ ଆଇଜି କୋଉଠି ଦେଲା? ଆଇଜି ଅର୍ଡର କାଇଁ?
election conduct ପାଇଁ sir state police headquarters ଆମକୁ order ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି sir.
ସାର୍ ଆଇଜି ଅର୍ଡର କୋଉଠି ଅଛି? I am asking a simple question. IG ଙ୍କ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ପଢିଲେ ବାୟଲ ସେଥିରେ ଲେଖା ଆଇଜି ଯଦି ଅର୍ଡର କରିଥିବେ ଆଇଜି ଅର୍ଡର କୋଉଠି ଅଛି ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ। ସିମ୍ପଲ।
ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସ୍ପେସିଫିକ ଅର୍ଡର ନାହିଁ sir.
ସେ ଅର୍ଡର ନହେଲେ ତାହେଲେ କେମିତି ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଡିସମେମ୍ବର କରିଦେଲେ? କୋଉ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡରେ କଲେ?
ଗୋଟେ କମିଟି ଫର୍ମ
ଆପଣ ତ ବାୟଲ ନିଜେ ପଢିଲେ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ବାୟଲ ତ ନିଜେ ପଢିଲେ ଆପଣ ବାୟଲରେ ଲେଖାଗଲା ଯେ ଆଇଜି ଯଦି ଅର୍ଡର କରିଥିବେ ମିସକଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ ହେଇଥିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ଆଇଜି ଅର୍ଡର କରିଥିବେ ଯେ ସସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ କରିଥିବେ ଯାହା ବି କରିଥିବେ ତାହେଲେ ସେ ଡିସମେମ୍ବର ହେଇପାରିବ କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଠି ଏଇ ଜାଗାରେ ଅର୍ଡର କିଏ ଦେଲା? ଆପଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କଣ ଆଇଜି ଅର୍ଡର ବୋଲି ଧରାଯିବ ନା ଆପଣ ଆଇଜି ହେଇଗଲେ? କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆଇଜି ଅର୍ଡର କୁ କେମିତି ଆପଣ ଆଇଜି ଅର୍ଡର ଏବସେନ୍ସ ରେ କେମିତି ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଡିସମେମ୍ବର କଲେ? ସରି
ସ୍କ୍ରୁଟିନି କମିଟି
ସ୍କ୍ରୁଟିନି କମିଟି କୋଉ ବେସିସରେ ଗୋଟେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବାୟଲରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଯଦି ମିସକଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ କରିଥିବ ଓକେ ତାର whatever misconduct he has done but that misconduct should have rendered a suspension by the IG, so that should have been by the IG, but here IG has not done it, here you have done it. So if you have done it, how can this person be debarred from participating in the election? କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ଅଫିସର ଆପଣ ହିଁ କହିପାରିବେ ଆଉ ଅଲଗା କିଏ କହିବେନି।
ସାର୍ ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତ ପ୍ରୋସିଡିଂ ଟାଇମ୍ ଟୁ ଟାଇମ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ପୋଲିସ ହେଡକ୍ୱାର୍ଟରକୁ ଜଣେଇ ଦେଇଛୁ ସାର୍ ସେମାନେ ଆପରେ କୌଣସି
ଆପଣ ଜଣେଇବାରେ ନା ମତେ ଜଣାନ୍ତୁ ହାୟର କ୍ୱାର୍ଟର କଣ ଜଣେଇଲେ ୟୁ ଆର୍ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ବଦର୍ଡ ଆପଣ ମତେ ଜଣାନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ କୋଉ ବେସରେ ତାକୁ କାଟିଲେ।
ସେ କେବଳ ଆମେ ସେଇ ଉପରେ ହିଁ କାଟିଛୁ ସାର୍ ଯୋଉ ମିସକଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ ଉପରେ କମିଟି ଯୋଉ ତାକୁ
ମିସକଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟର ଆପଣ ବାୟଲକୁ ମ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଆପଣ ବାୟଲ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଫୁଲଫିଲ କଲା କି? ବାୟଲ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ତ ଫୁଲଫିଲ କରିନି ନା ହଁ ଆପଣ ଯଦି ସେମିତି ବାୟଲକୁ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରନ୍ତୁ ଯେ ନାଇଁ ଯିଏ ସସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ ହେଇଥିବ ସେ ପାର୍ଟିସିପେଟ କରି ଏମିତି ଗୋଟେ କ୍ଲଜଟେ ଯୋଡ଼ି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ବାୟଲରେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଏଇ ଇଲେକ୍ସନରେ ୟୁ କାଣ୍ଟ ଡିସମେମ୍ବର ହିମ୍ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଇଲେକ୍ସନରେ ବାୟଲ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଯେ ନାଇଁ ଯିଏ ସସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ ହେଇଥିବ ସେ ପାର୍ଟିସିପେଟ କରିପାରିବେନି କ୍ଲିୟର କଟ୍ ଲେଖିଦେବି ଆଉ ଆଜି କଣ ଦରକାର ସସ୍ପେନସନ ଯଦି ଥିବ ସେ ହେବନି କ୍ଲିୟର କଟ୍ ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ ଯୋଡ଼ିଦେବେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ପୂର୍ବରୁ ସେୟା କରନ୍ତୁ but ଏଇ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ you can't debar him from participating. Let him participate. Allow him to participate. You have to allow. because ଆପଣଙ୍କର ବାୟଲ ମିଟ୍ କରୁନି ହେଲା। The first order of evidence or similar evidence that shall be given. The learned counsel for the petitioner submit that. As per the as per the order dated 16/8/2024, the petitioner was actually the opposite party number कितने?
Three.
Three. Three or four?
Four, technical.
Four.
Exact one. Okay, number?
Four.
Commandant cum chief election commissioner.
Four.
Okay, number 4. Commandant cum chief election commissioner. Consider the preparation of the present petitioner. Again, rejected his, next rejection order.
17/8.
Hmm?
17/8 reject କରିଛନ୍ତି.
नहीं नहीं
That is annexure 8.
next 8.
No, annexure.
Eight?
No,
Annexure
9. 9. Rejection order is
Yes, re.
annexure 9.
We rejected the representation of the present petitioner. We read 17/8/2024, wherein the ground for rejection was cited as the bylaw of Havildar and Sepoy Branch Association does not permit the suspended employee to participate in the election. Oh, you're dismembered. Dismembered, na?
Thank you.
Sorry. Bylaw automatically dismember a person who is under suspension. However, the said commandant OSP 8th Battalion Chandrapur has not mentioned the provision of the bylaw under which he has been
Dismembered.
dismembered. Dismembered?
Yes.
Okay. What is the provision?
That is clause
Page
4. Clause 4, subclause F.
Page
Page number 11.
11.
It starts at page 11. Subclause F is at page 12. Of miscase, let's say.
Hmm?
Of miscase. जोटी 17/8 order टा अच्छे annexure 9 तापरे annexure 10 टा
10.
आगे
As per the
clause 4
clause 4 of the
bylaw.
bylaw. So clause 4 of the disqualification of membership portfolio. Ab na?
F, page 12.
Ab ta kahin?
Page 12.
Page. Ab ta quote kar do. If he is so ordered by the IG of police for committing any breach of these rules or any other misconduct. Page 12. Heading ta likhi devo. Disqualification. In the above, in the effect clause of the bylaw, the clause 4F is said to be in action as portrayed by the election officer, chief election
Chief
officer,
election.
which entitle the present petitioner to participate in the election. However, on perusal of the said provision, it is clear that the misconduct, if any misconduct was committed by any member, there should be an order by IG of police for police taking cognizance of the misconduct and passing an order of suspension. In the present case, the commandant himself has suspended him.
Yes.
Has is the authority to suspend him. Hence, the spirit of the bylaws has been defied by the
Chief election.
chief election officer. Hence, this court is of the view that the act of dismembering the present petitioner to the present petitioner in view of the aforesaid bylaw, aforesaid provision of the bylaw is illegal. Hence, he should be allowed to participate in the election, ensuing election, ensuing election. Full stop. Accordingly, this court permits the petitioner to participate in the election process, and the authority shall allow him to participate without any hindrance. Full stop.
He is there and he has taken the order.
We send it order. Accordingly, dispose of. Next date kebe ହେଇଛି election?
30 ତାରିଖ ହେଇଛି ପରଦିନ।
କୁହନ୍ତୁ ତୁ।
Okay, then you can participate.
See,
Allow him now, Mr. Election Officer,
Commandant sir,
Commandant sir,
ଆପଣ mute ରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି। ହଁ
ଆପଣ mute କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
Allow him to participate.
ପାର୍ଟିସିପେଟ କରିବାକୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
Allow କରନ୍ତୁ। ଆଉ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଏମିତିଆ ସସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡେଡ, ମୁଁ ବି ଚାହୁଁଛି ସସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡେଡ ଲୋକ actually election contest କରିବା କଥା ନୁହେଁ, କିନ୍ତୁ law is not in my favor or your favor, unfortunately.
From 1886
ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ, ବାୟୋଲରେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରନ୍ତୁ, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଯୋଡ଼ି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଏବେ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ସରିଲା ପରେ ପରେ ଆପଣ ସଜେଷ୍ଟ କରନ୍ତୁ ବାୟୋଲ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରନ୍ତୁ ଫଟାଫଟ। ସେଥିରେ ଯୋଡ଼ି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ସସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡେଡ ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟି cannot ଯିଏ ବି ସସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ କରିଥାଉ, ସସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡେଡ ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟି cannot participate। ହେଲା, ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କ୍ଲଜ ଯୋଡ଼ି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଏଇଥର ଗୋଟେ ଗଳା ବାଟ ପାଇଗଲେ ଆଉ ପାଇବେନି ଯେମିତି କେହି। Actually, ସତ କଥା ସସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ ଲୋକ କାହିଁ
previously ବି suspended
right?
participate କରିଛନ୍ତି previously ବି।
ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଏଇ ଗଳା ବାଟ ପାଇଁ। ଆଉ ଗଳା ବାଟ ଛାଡନ୍ତୁନି ସାର୍, ସସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡେଡ ଲୋକକୁ ବିଲକୁଲ ପାର୍ଟିସିପେଟ କରିବାକୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁନି। ଉଲ୍ଟା ସିଧା କାମ କରିବେ, ସସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡ ହେବେ, ଆଉ ଇଲେକ୍ସନ ପାର୍ଟିସିପେଟ କରିବେ, ଆଉ ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ସସ୍ପେନସନ ଆଉ ମିସୟୁଜ କରିବେ ସେମାନେ। ଆପଣ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ହାୟର ଅଥରିଟି ସାଙ୍ଗେ କଥା ହେଇକି ସେଟାକୁ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ଦେଖିଲେ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ରୁ ଅର୍ଡର ଆଣି କେମିତି
ଚେଞ୍ଜ
ପାର୍ଟିସିପେଟ
କରନ୍ତୁ, ଲେଖିବିନି ସେଗୁଡା କାହିଁକି।
Sir, ସେ ବି may lordship he is also free to extend the election date or whatever he wants.
No, ଯୋଉ date ରେ କାହିଁକି
This date has been fixed by
ଯୋଉଟା
your
date
lordship.
fix ହେଇଛି।
এটা by your lordship this date has been fixed. That is why I
ହେଲା।
ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି,
ସେଇ ହବ।
ସେଇ date ରେ କରିବେ, ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ଅଛି।
ଆଉ କାହିଁ ଘଟେଇବ?
no no
ଅଲରେଡି ଫିକ୍ସ ହେଇଛି, ତାଙ୍କର ତ ସବୁ ରେଡି ଅଛି କରିବେ।
ହଁ
You have any problem to conduct election 30th, sir? You have any problem in conducting election on 30th?
ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
Sorry?
ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ କହୁଛି।
ସର୍ଟେଜ ଅଛି।
ହଁ ତାହେଲେ 30th ରେ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଚାହିଁବେ ଆପଣ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିପାରିବେ। ମୁଁ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ କରିଥିଲି।
ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ନୋ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ।
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ଠିକ ଅଛି, ଆମେ
ତାହେଲେ
30th ରେ କରିଦେବୁ ସାର୍।
30th ରେ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାହେଲେ। ଓକେ,
ଆଉ ଶୁଣିଲେ ତ ପାର୍ଟିସିପେଟ କରିବାକୁ ଦେବେ ଆଉ।
ହଁ ବାସ୍।
ଠିକ ଅଛି ସାର୍।
ଏ ବଡ଼
I see
ଏଟା କୋଟ କରିଦେବୁ।
I see
ଓକେ,
Item
Next.
19.
Thank you, sir.
May it
19.
please you, may it please. My lord, it was
19 also ଖରିଆର।
କିନ୍ତୁ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରିଦେବେ,
ସାର୍
ଗୋଟେ ଆଡ୍ କରିବେ।
19.
ସାର୍
ସସ୍ପେଣ୍ଡେଡ ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟି cannot participate ଗୋଟେ ଆଡ୍ କରିବେ।
ସାର୍
ବାୟୋଲ ଚେଞ୍ଜ କରନ୍ତୁ।
ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି
ହଁ,
This ma-
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଟାଇମ ଯେମିତି ଏମିତିଆ କେସ୍ ନ ଆସୁ।
ସାର୍।
ଖରିଆର
it was directed for
ତହସିଲଦାର ଖରିଆର।
it was directed for personal appearance.
ତହସିଲଦାର କରିବେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ହେଇଥିଲା ଏଟା?
dispensing with the personal appearance କରିଦେବେ।
ହଁ ସେଇଟା
ଆଜି dispose of ହେଲା।
Disposed of.
ନାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କେସ୍ ନୁହଁ।
of the commandant
କୋଉ item ରେ ଏଇଟା?
chief election officer of dispense with ହେଲା। Yes, what କଣ ହେଇଥିଲା sir?
It was directed for personal appearance of the Tahsildar. Yesterday, the date was fixed 27th.
ଏ କଣ ପାଇଁ ହେଇଥିଲା ମୋ ମନେ ନାହିଁ।
ଏଥିରେ
This
ହେଇଛି
is
କଣ କି?
eviction. No date is there. No
Date is
date.
there,
Ah,
my
yes,
lord.
yes. କୋଉଠି date ଅଛି? ଦେଖିଲେ?
Date is there.
କୋଉଠି ଦେଖିଲେ?
ଟୋଟାଲ ସବୁତକ ଦଉଛି ଏବଂ ତା ପଛରେ ସେ ଦସ୍ତଖତ କରି ନିଜେ ନେଇଛି।
ଆଗରେ କାଇଁ ରହିବନି?
ଗୋଟେ କଥା ଟିକେ
ଟପ ରେ ରହିବନି କାଇଁ?
ଶୁଣି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୋ କଥାଟା
ହଁ, କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କୁ ବି ପଚାରି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଯେ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ନୋଟିସ ଟା ହେଲା ସେଇ ନୋଟିସ ରେ ସେ ଦସ୍ତଖତ କରିକି ଛାଡିଲେ ସେ ପ୍ରୋସେସ ସର୍ଭର ନେଇକି ଯିବ।
ସାର୍
ଗୋଟେ
ସେ
ମିଟିଂ
ପ୍ରୋସେସ ସର୍ଭର ନେଇକି ଗଲା ଯେ କୋଉ ଦିନ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ହେଲା ତ ଲେଖା ହେବନି? ଇସ୍ୟୁ ହେବାଟା ଲେଖା ହେବନି?
ଇସୁ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କୁ ପଚାର।
ମିଷ୍ଟର
ସେଇଠି ଅଛି।
ତହସିଲଦାର, so
ଇସୁ ଡେଟ୍ ଟା ଅଛି।
where is the issue date? Issue date କୋଉଠି ଅଛି?
ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ।
ଆପଣ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଡେଟ୍ ଟା କୋଉଠି ଲେଖିଲେ?
ଟପ୍ ରେ ଅଛି sir. Right side
Top
top
ରେ।
ରେ ଅଛି sir. Sir, top ରେ
ଏଇଟା
ଅଛି।
24/7
ହୁଁ
Sir,
ଆପଣ ସେଦିନ ଗୋଟେ ଅଲଗା କଣ ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖେଇଥିଲେ?
ସିଏ ଆଣିଥିଲେ ଲେଖିଛି ନା
ଆପଣଙ୍କ
ମୁଁ
document
ଦେଖେଇବି।
ନଥିଲା?
Annexure, no. No, move out, let me say.
Oh.
Annexure 1, your lordship may kindly see. 1 and 2, both. 1 and 2. 1 is the notice.
ପଛପଟଟା
ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ଦେଖେଇଛନ୍ତି ଅଲଗା ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ଇଂଲିଶ ବାଲା ସେ ଓଡିଆରେ ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି ମତେ। ସେଥିରେ କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଦେଖିଲେ?
ଏଇଟା ଓଡିଆ ଅଛି।
ଆପଣ ତ ଏଇଟା ମତେ ଦେଖେଇଲେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି, ଏଠି ତ ଡେଟ୍ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି, ଏଇଥିରେ କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି?
ତାପରେ ଅଛି।
ଏଇଟା ଓଡିଆରେ ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କୁ ଓଡିଆ ପାଖରେ ଯାଉଛି।
ପରଟା ଅଛି ତା ଓଡିଆରେ।
format ଅଛି sir.
ଓଡିଆରେ ଅଛି ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି। ଫରମ କରେ ଅଛି ପରା।
960/24/24
ଏଇଟା ପଢେଇ ଦିଅ।
930 ଅଛି।
ପଛରେ ସେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ସେ ଫାଇଲ बनाନ୍ତି
ରିଟରେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଇଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କୋଉ ଦିନ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ହେଲା ତା ପଛପଟ ଡେଟ୍ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେ ନିଜେ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ଦସ୍ତଖତ କରିକି ସେଇଟାକୁ ସେ ଦେଖଉନାହାନ୍ତି।
ଯୋଉଟା ପାଇଛି ସେଇଟା ଦେଇଛି।
ଟପ ରାଇଟ କର୍ନର
ନାଇଁ ତା ପଛପଟଟା କରିନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ନିଜେ ଦସ୍ତଖତ କରି
ମାନେ
ନେଇଛନ୍ତି।
ପଛପଟ ନୁହଁ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଗରେ କାଇଁ ରହିବନି?
ଆଗେ
ଏତେ କଥା
ଉପରକୁ
କୋଉଠି
ଅଛି
ହେଲା?
ସାର୍। ସାର୍ ଉପରକୁ ଅଛି
କୋଉଠି ଅଛି?
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ରାଇଟ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ସାଇଡ ଟପ ରେ
ଟପ ରାଇଟ କର୍ନର
ଅଛି ତା ପରଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ।
ଏଇଟା ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ହାତରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ଆପଣ ଟାଇପ କଲେ ଟାଇପ କରି କାଇଁ ଲେଖିବେନି ଡେଟଟା?
ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଡେସ୍ପାଚ ରେ ସେ ଜାଗାରେ entry
କାହିଁକି ଆପଣ ଯୋଉ ଦିନ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ହବ ସେଇଦିନ ଡେଟ୍ ପଡିବ ଏଥିରେ।
ତାଙ୍କୁ ପଚାର
Sir,
ମିଷ୍ଟର ତହସିଲଦାର,
sir,
ଆପଣ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କଲେ ଗୋଟେ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ଡେଟ୍ ଟା କରିବେନି?
ହଁ sir. ସେ
ତ ଆପଣ କାଇଁ ଡେଟ୍ ଟା କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି?
ନାଇଁ ସେଟା sir ସେ ପ୍ରୋସେସ ସର୍ଭର ଗୋଟେ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର ଅଛି sir ସେ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟରରେ ସେଟା ଡେଟା
ପ୍ରୋସେସ ସର୍ଭିସ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଗପ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ।
ତା ପଛପଟେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଦସ୍ତଖତ କରିଛି।
ପଛପଟେ କାଇଁ ଦେଖିବେ ମ? ଆଗ ପଟେ କାଇଁ ଦେଖିବୁନି? ଆଗ ପଟେ ତ ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଠି ଦେଲେ ଏଠି ନମ୍ବର ଦେଲେ ଡେଟ୍ ଟା ଦେଲେ କଣ ଇଜ୍ଜତ ପଳେଇଯିବ?
ନାଇଁ ଦବା
ଆଉ ଫିର
ଆପଣ ଆର୍ଥରକୁ ସେଇଥିରେ ଡେଟ୍ ଦେବେ।
issue you must give a date sir. ପଛପଟେ ଆଗ ପଟେ ଦେଲେ ହବନି।
ଆଗପଟେ ଦେବେ ପଛପଟେ ବି ଦେବେ।
I have called for that purpose only. You must know where the date should be given. Date ନ ଦେଲେ କଣ manipulation ହବାର scope ଅଧିକ ରହୁଛି। Date ଟା ଦେଇଦେଲେ ଧରା ପଡିଯିବେ।
ଟିକେ ବୁଲେଇ ଦେବେ।
1 and
ଆଉ
2.
ବୁଲିବେନି।
1 and 2 ଦିଟାର କୋଉଥିରେ ଡେଟ୍ ନାହିଁ।
You must give date.
ଡେଟ୍ ଅଛି।
ଏଇଟା କଣ ଥିଲା ଏଥିରେ?
ଏଇଟା today it is for eviction, my lord. Annexure 2 has been.
ହଉ eviction କରନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଇଏ କରନ୍ତୁ।
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ଆସୁ।
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଦିନ ନା ଆଜି ଖତମ କରିବି ଆଉ
ହଁ ହଁ ଶୋକଜ ଦେବି ମୁଁ ଶୋକଜ ଦେବି।
ଶୋକଜ କଣ ଦେବି?
କଣ ହେଇଛି?
ରିପ୍ଲାଏ ଦେବି କହନ୍ତୁ।
ଶୋକଜର reply ଦେବି।
ଶୋକଜ ରିପ୍ଲାଏ ଦେବି କଣ?
ଆଜ୍ଞା ହଁ ଶୋକଜ
ଦେବି। ଶୋକଜ ସେ ସିନା ଦେବେ ଆପଣ କିନ୍ତୁ ଶୋକଜ ଦେବେ।
ହଁ ନାଇଁ
କଥା କଣ?
ଆମର ବହୁତ ଶିଖିବାର ଅଛି
ଶିଖିବାର ନାହିଁ ସାର୍।
କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ୍ ମୁଁ ଲେଟ୍ ମି ସବମିଟ୍
ଶୋକଜ ଦେବି କିଏ ଦେବେ? ଶୋକଜ ସିଏ ଦେବେ ଆପଣ।
ନାଇଁ ଶୋକଜ ମୋ
ଦେବେ।
ହଁ ଆପଣ
ଫାଇଲ ରିପ୍ଲାଏ ଟୁ ଦ ଶୋକଜ।
ସୋ
ତ ଏଇଟା they have given you for vacation.
yes my lord eviction ଟା ମୁଁ let me say I am for the petition.
ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କହୁନି ଦିଟା କରି
ଏ ଛାଣନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଆଉ
ଏ ତ
ଦେଖୁଛି
ଗଲାଣି।
ନେକ୍ସଟ ଦେବେ ତ ସେ ଗଲା ଏତେ
ହଁ
My lord, the petition.
I have told him for purpose of impressing upon that there should be dates to be
Dates,
clear.
yes. That's what you are
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ ଇସ୍ୟୁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଡେଟ୍ ଟା ଦେଲେ there is less subject to it is less prone to any kind of manipulation. That's what I'm saying. That's why you put the date while you type, put the date. Don't write in hand. There is some chance of manipulation. Yes, what is your thing?
My lord, the under annexure 1, I got the notice. My lord, measurement would resolve the dispute because I am in my own land having constructed the house. There was no measurement. I was very much perturbed out to have received annexure 1.
तो सर तहसीलदार बाबू एई जागा को मेजरमेंट कर दियंतु आउ से जदी गवर्नमेंट लैंड रे अछंती कि तांकर लैंड रे अछंती जणा पड़ी जीवो हां तापर मेजरमेंट कला हां कोन किछ बहुत
सर से मेजरमेंट करा है सर से
मेजरमेंट करा है जी
हां सर रास्ता रे से जे घर तयारी करछन्ती
रास्ता रे भांगंतु सीधा स्ट्रेट जाके भांगी देंतु आज का भांगी देंतु जाके रास्ता रे जे छाड़ंतु
My lord, there is
रास्ता रे बनाई
there is my lord, there is no measurement. I am not there. I am
मेजरमेंट कोडी करछन्ती आपण
मो प्रेजेंट से करछन्ती
कोंतु टिके मेजरमेंट कर
सर आरआई तहसीलदार से पुलिस ऑफिसर सब रहितले सर मेजरमेंट करा है
तांको प्रेजेंस रे
चिथिले की
जानी के रहिबेनी से माने आपण जानि नांती सिस्टम जानि के रहंती नहीं
सी रहिबे
कहबे मु नथिली एंदी सेडा कहबे ना
पुरे ठिया देखते
हां जा भारी चालाक छात ऊपर कोडी बजे कोणा रे देखुतु बस
बायनाकुलर नहीं
सब जानि जी मु ए बाबू जो जानि देखिनी बंगार जा जगह रे सब रोग ऋण हले हम आगु देखुतु कोन होला
ब्लड प्रेशर रिलैक्स हो गला आज
सर
अच्छी से कम कम हो गला
सर गोटे काम करंतु आपण जो रिपोर्ट ता अछि रिपोर्ट अच्छी अपना पाखरे रिपोर्ट टा कोन अछि रिपोर्ट रे
कोन अछि पढि दंतु
सर आरआई दे जो देइतले सर जिमी मोटा से फॉर्म नंबर 4 अछि सर लागि सर एइटे
कोन रे फॉर्म नंबर
आरआई जो रिपोर्ट ता देचंदी से रिपोर्ट बेस करके हमें एविक्शन पे नोटिस दिया सर
कोड कोड दे कोड देखले आपण पढंतु कोन अछि
अपटे पढन
फॉर्म नंबर 6 सर
पढंतु सर पढंतु
हाँ सर नियम 3 रो ब्रैकेट 1 द्रव्यस्थ द्रष्टव्य जिला खोडियाल उपखंड खोडियाल तहसील राजस्व मंडल खोदापुर मौजा
जिला खरियार केम दिला सर जिला नवा पड़ा हितबो ना जिला नवा पड़ा हो ना
सेटा से जेरेस्टा उठी गई सर सॉरी सर
हां जिला नवा पड़ा खरियार के जिला हलानी हले डिमांड अछि लेकिन हेई ना
इमराज
नवा पड़ा जिला
प्रेजेंस से कहिबे
खोडियाल तहसील राजस्व मंडल तापरे अछि सर सरकारी जमी मास डाला जुलाई वर्ष 2024-25 अन्यान्य कास्त मामला दाखल विवरण क्रमिक नंबर 1 रे 6 तापर जबरदखलकारी नाम पिता नाम ठिकाना और वृत्ति भीमराज बेहरा पिता गजिन बेहरा जाति सुंडी निज गाँ दहलपड़ा 3 नंबर सर जबरदखलकारी हरिजन बा गिरिजन श्रेणी ओबीसी तापर जबरदखल जमीर विवरण कोरेला मौजा दहलपड़ा खोडियाल तहसील खोडियाल जिला नुआपड़ा खाता नंबर सर 131 ब्रैकेट अछि सर्वसाधारण एसएस प्लॉट नंबर 251
केते एरिया एनकरेज करछन्ती
तांके 3 डिसमिल सर 3 डिसमिल 4 डिसमिल रो 3 डिसमिल
छे रोड टा
रास्ता हां सर किसम रास्ता
को पड़े छी
सर तापर सर 2 नंबर
कहूची यार कहू छी
2 नंबर सर
लेट मी प्लेस माय लॉर्ड
अपील जा
सब जीवे जे सब जीवे म अपील
देखले सेठी से नीचे कहउछन्ती देखना केस इज टेकन अप
Pimraj Behra village Dohil Pada is present and admits encroachment. He has no such document produced in the court in support of his favor. As per the report of RI Shraddhapur, the encroacher has encroached the government plot stands recorded in Sarva Sadharanam Khata number 131 being the Kisam Rasta village Dohil Pada, which is objectionable in nature and it cannot be settled in favor of the encroacher. Also, the encroacher is not coming under the purview of Section 3 of OPL Act, hence is liable to under Section Eviction so and so so and so. Issue eviction notice so and so. Our Tahsildar toy karchi. If you have
you are present.
if you are, the,
let me
if
place.
the petitioner, Rohantu,
No,
if the petitioner is affected by the order passed by the Tahsildar on 31st/7/2024, the petitioner is having the option of approaching the appellate forum under
No.
section 12(1), 12(1), within 10 days from, and till the matter is taken up by the appellate authority, no coercive action. ଆପଣ ସବ୍ କଲେକ୍ଟର କହିବେ ଜଲ୍ଦି ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରିବା ପାଇଁ, ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ, ଫଟାଫଟ ଭାଙ୍ଗନ୍ତୁ। ଆगे ଆଗକୁ ଯିଏ ଆସିଛି ଫଟାଫଟ ଭାଙ୍ଗନ୍ତୁ, କିଛି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଫୁଲ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ସନ। ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କିଛି କରିବନି, ଆପଣ କିନ୍ତୁ ପଇସା ଫଇସା ଖାଇକିରି କିଛି କରିବେନି ହେଲା।
See, when I appeared, 31st is the date
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
fixed.
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ମୋ କଥା, ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ସନ ଦିଆଗଲା, ଆପଣ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ appellate authority କୁ, till the matter is taken up by the appellate authority, you are protected. After that, I don't have anything.
ନା ଠିକ ଅଛି 10 days ରେ କଳାହାଣ୍ଡି ମ୍ୟାଟର।
ତ କଳାହାଣ୍ଡି matter, କଳାହାଣ୍ଡି କଣ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ବାହାରେ?
କଳାହାଣ୍ଡି କପି ନେଇକି ତାଙ୍କୁ ପଠେଇଲେ ସେ ରେଡି କରି
କପି ନେଇକିରି ପଠେଇବା ପାଇଁ
ଆପଣ ଆଉ ଏତି 10 ଦିନ ଆଉ 5-7 ଦିନ ଖଣ୍ଡେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, ନହେଲେ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିକାଲି ପସିବୁଲ ହବନି। ମୁଁ ଏଗେନ ଏକ୍ସଟେନସନ ପାଇଁ ଆସିଛି।
ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିକାଲି ପସିବୁଲ ଯୋଉ ବସ ରେ ପଳେଇ ଯାଉଛି ଫାଇଲ, ବସ ରେ ପଳେଇଲେ ବସ ପିଅନ କୁ ଆପଣ ପଠେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତି, ସେଠି ଧରିକି ପଳେଇ ଯାଉଛି, ନହେଲେ ଆପଣ ମୁନ୍ସି, ଆଉ ସେଟା ହଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ଦିନରେ। ଆପଣ ଅର୍ଡର
ପ୍ରେୟାର କଲେ ଆପଣ
ମାଲ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଲା, ଫେର ମାଲ ଆଇଲେ ତ ଆପଣ ଦେବେ, ମାଲ ତାଠୁ 5,000 ସେଥିରେ ନେବେ, ତାପରେ ଦେବେ ତାକୁ।
ଆପଣ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି, ମତେ ଆଉ ଟିକେ କିଛି ଦିନ ଟାଇମ 10 ଦିନ ହବ ପ୍ରାକ୍ଟିକାଲ।
10 ଦିନ ଭିତରେ କରିବେ। ଆପଣ କେମିତି କରିବେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି, ଏଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ, ନଟ୍ ମାଇ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ। 10 ଦିନ ଟାଇମ ଦିଆଗଲା, ଆପଣ ନୂଆପଡା ଡେଲି ବସ୍ ଚାଲୁଛି,
ସାର୍ଟିଫାଇଡ କପିଟା ଆଜି ଟିକେ
ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗ ଗୋଟାଏ ଭିତରେ ମିଳିଯିବ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ, ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ୱରି।
ହଉ।
ଆପଣ ତହସିଲଦାର ସବ୍ କଲେକ୍ଟର କହିବେ ଜଲ୍ଦି ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରି ଜଲ୍ଦି ଭାଙ୍ଗିବେ,
And just one.
ପୁରା ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ।
I would raise my all points before the sub collector. That
କିଏ ମନା କଲା? ଆପଣ ଅପିଲରେ ଯାହା ପଏଣ୍ଟ, ଅପିଲରେ ଯୋଉଟା ଥିବ ଅଲ୍ ପଏଣ୍ଟସ କେମିତି କରିବେ? ଯୋଉଟା କରିଥିବେ ସେଟା କରିବେ ନା, ନୂଆ ପଏଣ୍ଟ କେମିତି କରିବେ?
more than violation of natural justice, void order ଆଉ
କିଛି ଭଏଡ ନାହିଁ, ସବୁ ଭଏଡ।
ସେ ମତେ ଶୁଣି ନାହାନ୍ତି, ତା ଆର ଦିନ ମତେ କରିଦେଲା, ବଢେଇ ଦେଲେ,
ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ଟ କରାଗଲା ନା। ଏବେ ଆପଣ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ, ସେଠି ଇଏ କରିବେ।
ଟାଇମ ଟା ଟିକେ ସର୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲା, ଅସୁବିଧା।
ଟାଇମ ସର୍ଟ କିଛି ହେଇନି, ଠିକ ଅଛି। ଏମିତିଆ ଲୋକ ସର୍ଟ ଟାଇମ ଦେବା କଥା, ରାସ୍ତା ଉପରେ ମାଡିକି ଘରେ ବସିଥିଲେ।
ନାଇଁ ରାସ୍ତା ନାଇଁ, ମୋର 250, ତାଙ୍କର 251।
ରାସ୍ତା ଉପରେ ଘରେ
ସେ ଯଦି ମେଜରମେଣ୍ଟ ହବ that would reveal.
ଆପଣ ସାର୍ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ, ଜଲ୍ଦି କହିଦେବେ ସବକ୍ଲେକ୍ଟରକୁ।
ପର୍ସନାଲ ଆପିୟରାନ୍ସ ଟା ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ, ଏଥର କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ।
ତହସିଲଦାର ଖରିଆର, ଆପଣ ଖରିଆର ତହସିଲଦାର ତ?
ହରିଆର।
ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି। ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 20.
20
This matter is related to prayer is confined for a direction for release of the subsidy.
यार ये सब्सिडी कब खत्म
7
होगा? कब खत्म होगा सर ये सब्सिडी इशू?
OP number 7
is the main
applicable. They have filed
कौन
report.
आफ्टर इंस्ट्रक्शन कौन ଅଛି?
SMC proceeding High Court, kindly see that.
କେତେ ନମ୍ବର?
ସେଥିରେ ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଆମେ କୁଆଡେ ଡିଲେ କରୁଛୁ।
ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଅକେଜନ ଦେଇଛି, ଆଗରୁ ବି ଦେଇଥିଲି, ସେଇ ଟାଇମ।
କୋଉଟା ଦେଖି?
Page 4, serial number 4.
Page
4, serial number 4.
କଣ ଅଛି?
CIS release proposal of Srimati Rina Rao under KSK. The direction of the Honorable High Court of Orissa at Bottom WBC number 10604 of 2023 has been discussed in detail on the issue regarding release of CIS to Srimati Rina Rao. That is the.
अब कोड़ा पढ़ुଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଏଯାଏ ଜାଣି ପାରିଲିନି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କୋड़ा ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ?
proceeding में ଦେଇଛି।
Page 2.
Serial number 4.
Number 4.
Serial number 4.
Report of the state level committee.
No, report not proceeding.
କାଢିକି ଦେଖ। ସିରିୟଲ ନମ୍ବର ସେଟା ଦେଖାଯାଉନି କୋଉଠି?
Report
Report not proceeding.
ଏଇଟା ପଢୁଛି ମୁଁ ଅଲଗା ଜିନିଷ ଦେଖୁଛି। କଣ ହେଲା ଏଥିରେ?
CIS release proposal of Srimati Raut under KSK. The
ଆପଣ
direction of the honorable
delay ଆପଣ ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିସନ ପାଇଁ କେତେ ଦିନ ଲଗେଇଲେ?
sir project completion se ठीक समय complete ही पाला. Thereafter also time was extended. एटा मु पढ़ी दउछु, एटा मु पढ़ी दउछु, kindly bear with me. The direction of the Honorable High Court of Orissa at Cuttack WPC number 10604 of 2023 has been discussed in detail on the issue regarding release of CIS to Srimati Nina Raut, that is the entrepreneur, made inordinate delay in completing the project after closure of KSK. Further, new scheme named CAE was introduced and subsequently introduction of MKUY guideline came onto force from 1/6/2018, which restricts to complete the project within 2 years. Further delay of 1 year allowed with reduction in subsidy. Keeping in consideration of the above facts, it was decided not to release the CIS in the 67th SLC. Now the committee has again decided not to release the CIS as the entrepreneur made inordinate delay in completing the project.
ଏଇଠି ଯୋଉ delay କଥାଟା କହୁଛନ୍ତି kindly see order dated 6/7/18 of this honorable court.
ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ସେଇ ଅନରେବୁଲ କୋର୍ଟ ର ଅର୍ଡର ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ, ଆପଣ ଡିଲେ କରିଛନ୍ତି ନା ମତେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
ଆମେ କରିବୁ
ଅନରେବୁଲ କୋର୍ଟ କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲା ଆପଣ ଡିଲେ କଲେ ନା ନାହିଁ?
ଆମେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ କରିକିରି 6/7/18 ରେ honorable court
କୋଉଠି ଆପଣ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ କରିଛନ୍ତି?
ହଁ ଅର୍ଡର
Complete
କଲେ
କରିଛନ୍ତି।
ଆମେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ କରିକିରି
ଓକେ ଅର୍ଡର
6/7/19
Okay, order is up. I have already heard it enough. I am reserving it. I'll pass order.
ନା ଆମ ସାଇଡ୍ ରେ କୌଣସି ଡିଲେ ହେଇନି।
ଠିକ ଅଛି, I'll pass order. ଆପଣ written note for ଦେବା ଅଛି କି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା
written note ଦେବେ?
I have already
You have given. You want to give any written note? Yeah, your written note is that much.
Okay.
Okay, fine. ठीक है, final order. Okay, order is up. Next.
Item 21,
20.
correction ଅଛି।
Correction.
Correction.
କଣ correction?
Posted ही page ରେ।
ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି। Change କରି। Correction ବି
ହଁ
ଏଇ
ନାଇଁ, ହବ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆସିଛି। LR ଟା ବି ଥିଲା ଡେଟ୍ ରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିଲା ତ ତାର। ଯୋଉ ଡେଟ୍
Office portrait.
କୋଉଠି ଯୋଉ ଇଏଟା। ହଁ ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି, ସେଟା good because there is date ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି। ଠିକ ଅଛି। It's always right. Date ତା କିଏ LR ଅଛି ତା ନାଁ ବି ଲେଖି ଦିଅ ସେ ଉପରେ। ଭୁଲ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ସେଠି। Next.
Item 22,
22.
Ballot file in this case for correction of typographical error, your lordship.
କଣ ଟାଇପ ର ଫେଲର ଅଛି?
Sir, page number 4, first line re 333019996 हवा कथा 196 ହେଇଯାଇଛି 0 हवा कथा
ସେ ଅର୍ଡର ଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। Correction କରି।
ଲଗେଇ ଦେଇଛି। ଏ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ କପି ବି ଅଛି।
ନାଇଁ କହିଯାଅ ଖାଲି ପେନସିଲ ଗୋଟେ କରିଥିଲି। ଆପଣ ସେଟା ଭୁଲ ହେବନି, ପେନସିଲ ଗୋଟେ ଲେଖିକି ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। ସାର୍ ଯେତେବେଳେ କରେକ୍ସନ କରିବେ ସେତେବେଳେ ସେ ସେ କପି ଦେଇଦେବେ, ଗୋଟେ ପେନସିଲ କରେକ୍ସନ ଦେଇଦେବେ।
ହଁ ସେତିକି,
ଭୁଲ ଭଲ ହେବନି।
ଆଉ କିଛି ଭୁଲ ନାହିଁ।
ସେଟା ଲେଖିବି ହେଲା। ଓକେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡନ୍।
item 24,
24.
ଯେ କରେକ୍ସନ କରିଦେଇଥିଲି।
For
I am to the opposite party.
24.
କରେକ୍ସନ ମୁଁ କରିଛି। ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଆପଣ ଇନସିଏଲ୍ କର।
ହଉ ଠିକ ଅଛି। 24.
I am for the opposite party. Here,
Which for the petitioner?
petition last time be not.
Non-appeals for the petitioner. It seems that the petitioner is not interested. It seems that the petitioner is not interested. The proceeding not having this special non-prosecution.
Appearance.
Okay. Next.
item 25,
25.
Item 25 matter. Regularization of service,
OT.
regulated market domain.
Huh?
Regulated market committee, Kendrapada.
Chandrapura.
Last occasion, your lordship directed to verify whether my juniors are appointed in approved post or
board.
not?
ମହାପାତ୍ର
Marketing board.
କିଏ କରୁଛି
Satyaranjan Mahapatra.
କିଏ କରୁଛି ଆପଣ
One Satyaranjan Mahapatra is appearing, I think, for board.
ଦେ ବୋର୍ଡ ପାଇଁ କିଏ appear କରୁଛି
Satyaranjan Mahapatra.
ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି
My lord.
can you intimate him
I intimate for now, date for now.
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ କରିଦିଅ intimate କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
My lord.
if he is not there I can't decide
My lord.
so fifth
My lord.
ଆପଣ ଟିକେ intimate କରିଦେବେ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଯଦି next
25-26
Sam କରିଦିଅ ଆପଣ
Item 27.
Item 27. That is
27
next week I'll file a return of submission.
only for written service
Hearing how I am preparing a return of submission.
Let me also prepare a note. Today, my lord, I filed a synopsis and a date chart.
fourth synopsis I don't want give me a written note of submission point 1 2 3 4
My lord, I'll
like
file. My lord,
as if you are arguing in the court
my lord, my lord,
your note of submission should be like that
my lord, I'll file.
next
28. Obligation.
28
When I am the petitioner. the
Bank.
opposite party, Mr. Whether was there, he handed over just copy of the last year minor had order to give the reply affidavit. He has submitted the affidavit to me today. I prepare 3 weeks time. So that it will be
okay listen matter 25th September
obliged.
next
29.
29
May I please, your lordship? My lord, in earlier occasion, your lordship wanted to know whether my experience certificate was there with the application or not. So in that, to that query, my the page 22, my lord.
Pardon, item 20 was filing the chart, Mr. Panda already mentioned. Chart is as lordship in the last.
yeah I have given time
Okay.
Page 22, real number 2. My case was never rejected. I was shortlisted 2 times in serial number 1. I am not demanding the job on that basis. My case was never rejected by the authority. The OP5, the private opposite party, came to picture by way of an corrigendum, a rejected candidate shortlisted in serial number 2. And during the pendency and verification of my document, he was engaged. I came before this honorable court. This honorable court remanded the matter to the collector. Collector decided that I have given the document letter. It is wrong. The page 22 clearly says that the experience certificate 2.5 months. 2.5 months, no, that is continuation certificate, and another certificate was also there that has been misplaced. For that suppression, he has been penalized by information commissioner. They have given the regender that document. To be shortlisted, experience certificate was there. My case, my application was never rejected. So now, my lord, your lordship has was pleased to direct my learned brother or the National Health Commission, National Health Mission to adjust me. And so in the present situation, the OP5 has already been engaged since 2015.
No.
I don't want to stand on his way. In the near future, if the vacancy on contractual basis will arise, so my case may be
Yes, sir.
considered.
ठीक है you can think because
Nuapada or any nearby
At present,
district.
there is no vacancy in Nuapada. I got it.
हाँ, सेटा रही
So in future, if any vacancy of similar nature will arise, then his case will be considered.
Nuapada or any nearby district.
ठीक
Case may be considered taking into account his requisite eligibility.
ना आउ पुणी यूनिवर्सिटी मु सिलेक्टेड ही कटि जाइछ ना
No,
सप्रेशन
sir, mere selection in the provisional list is not right, does not create indefeasible right.
You have
Some
not
person-
gone through, you have suppressed my
I have not
suppressed my
got such-
certificate, and for that reason you have been punished. You have not gone through that record.
Yes, person highly competent also civil ground. Land account for the state was directed to take instruction if any vacancy is available for the petitioner to be accommodated in the district of Noapada. However, land accounts for the state, Mr. Munson said, there is no vacancy available in the district of Noapada. Considering the fact that the petition, the particular facts and circumstances of the case, the state and the National Health Mission shall endeavor to accommodate him in the district of Noapada or nearby district if any vacancy arises in future. It is made clear that the petitioner should be found. And so, how are you going to
My lord, since I have succeeded 2 times in 2013, 2015, so I
That's
pray-
why I have written in the peculiar facts and circumstances of the case will लिखी थी तुमने.
Yes.
अब इतने कथा क्या लिखी? Because
Would like.
succeed, mere success is not succeeding in
The
exam
point
is
for-
not that
for-
doesn't give you the right to get job.
Does not create an indefeasible right. my lord. Pankaj and Das was in the bill.
Right of employer
That's why I
to seek
said-
the council body.
Obviously.
Next,
Item 30,
30.
Well, I suppose I did that. Along with notes of submission. The short point is involved in this case on identical charge, both the Department of Proceeding and the criminal proceeding was undertaken by. Department of Proceeding held ex parte. Those two. So that means held ex parte. In a criminal case, I have been
You
acquitted.
are taking for in this matter. You are for?
So union.
Union. Oh, union.
But
This is for the
CRPF,
CRP.
Central in the Reserve Police.
Take a
Serve a
look.
copy.
Give a copy.
Dead chat I'll serve copy.
Dead-
Dead chat settle
Oh,
them.
dead chat.
But above-
This is only dead chat and some
Above I-
case law is there.
I settle them.
Give the case, give a volume.
settle them.
They didn't do a copy.
Dead chat का क्या बाबू ले जाए?
हाँ?
Dead chat का कुछ तो नहीं.
ये डेड का तो ऐसे मोटा हुआ नहीं ना.
नहीं say only dead chat. I'll not give you this.
बाकी जो मसाला देते हैं मसाला
No, मसाला नहीं. क्या आसु मसाला नो डेट रे.
मसाला ये मसाला पर ला
नहीं settle them. Yeah.
मोटे कॉपी तो दे देगा.
राज डेट ଆସିଲେ ନାହିଁ ଆଜି
अरे भर्डिक्टम फरनो काहे एडा
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଇଟା ରିସେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
हां ये
ଆଇଡେଣ୍ଟିକାଲ ଚାର୍ଜ ଆକୁଟାଲ ହେଇଛି
हां
ଆମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ନଲେଜ ପାଇଛୁ
ହୁଁ।
କହୁଥିଲେ ରିକନସିଡର କରିବୁନି
Keep it on Monday, Lord.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଯୋଉ ଲୋକଟା କମ୍ପ୍ଲେଣ୍ଟ ଆଇ ହାଭ୍ ଲଷ୍ଟ ମାଇ ସର୍ଭିସ ହି tried as a witness in the criminal court.
We'll see that.
I've been acquitted.
We'll see that, sir.
Well, I have been thrown out of job.
ठीक है,
Well,
we'll see that on Monday.
Let's keep it on record.
हाँ हाँ.
2nd September, Lord.
On that day,
ଏଟା ରଖିବି ତ?
I don't know.
ଆପଣ ମତେ ଅଲଗାଟା ଦେବେ.
ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ ପାଇଁ flag ବାହାର କରିଦେଇଛି Similar
ସୁନ୍ଦର
flag.
କେ ସଜେଇକି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ନା.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୋର ବି ସେ ଆଇଛି ନା I will place it.
ଖାଲି flag ଏମିତି ନା, ଆପଣ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କହି ଦଉଛି, ଆପଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏତେ କଥା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କହି ଦଉଛି. ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
sir, ଟିକେ ଏପଟେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ. ଏତେ ଗୁଡା କେସ୍ ଲ ଦେଲେ
ସେ ତିନିଟା ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
କଥା ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କେସ୍ ଲ ଦେଲେ ଛୋଟ ଇଣ୍ଡେକ୍ସ ବନେଇଦେବେ,
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ପେଜିନେଟ୍ କରିଦେବେ,
ହଁ
ଆଉ
କରିଦେବି।
କେସ୍ ର ଲେଖିଦେବେ,
ହଁ
ଏତିକି
ହଁ ମୁଁ
page
ରେସିଓ
ଲେଖିଦେବେ,
ଲେଖିବି
ଆଉ ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ସିରିଏଲ ହିସାବରେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ flag
ହଁ, କରିଦେବି।
1 2
ଆଜ୍ଞା କରିଦେବି
ସମସ୍ତେ
ହଁ ହଁ ସେଇଟା କରିଦେବି ଆମ କପିଟା କି
Lordship, the appearance of Mahendra Pradhan may be recorded.
ଏଇ ଆଉ ତମ
ଏଇଟା,
ଫୋନ ନମ୍ବରଟା ଦିଟା
ହଁ,
ଆସୁନ ତମ କରିବ ତ ଫୋନ ନମ୍ବରଟା ଦିଟା
Monday. ଦେଖିଦିଅ ଗୋଟେ ଇଏ ମେମୋ ଦେଲି ମେମୋ। Next.
Item 32.
32.
May I please? Three petitioners are job contract initially appointed as job contract employee in class 4 service
Where? Under which organization?
under revenue department in the board of revenue land reform wing.
Board of Revenue.
Board of revenue land reform wing.
So what was your job?
My job is class 4 service.
Process server
Process server.
chairman,
Class 4 of the job contract basis.
chairman
Process server.
Chairman.
and another process server.
Born in class 4 post.
So that is what is the job contract
Job
Job
contract.
with some contractor.
No, directly payment by government.
As and when required.
Not directly continuously they are working. Against sanction post. Against sanction post appointment is there. Lordship kindly see my appointment order at page 14.
Yes.
In pursuance to
The date 9 କିଛି ନାହିଁ।
order
Order number 9
ଏଇଟା
ଖାଲି
ତଳେ
ସବୁ
ତଳେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି memo number ଏତେ dated 18/11/17
ସବୁ doubt create କରି ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବି।
ନା ନା ସେ ଉପରେ ସେ ଦିଅନ୍ତି ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି
ପୁରା ଭଲ ଲେଖିବି date order number କେତେ ଲେଖିବି date ଲେଖିବି।
ସେ order ଟା type କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାପରେ issue
order
dispatch
type
issue dispatch section ରେ they are putting this date and yes.
ସବୁଥିରେ ଡେଟ୍ ଲେଖିବା କଥା କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଯାହା ଲେଖିନାହାନ୍ତି ଆମେ ସେ
Member number ये date number ये लिखिदेବେ ନା ଆଉ। Pursuant to the board of revenue data number so 3 you are Jena.
Arthatam Jena.
Jena and the other one is
Other one is annexed to same order, annexed to and 3 similar order. Arthatam Jena district Dhenkanal.
I guess
Job contract chairman.
Temporary vacancy, sir. Not a permanent vacancy.
Sanctioned by the board of revenue.
Sanction
By the board of revenue against temporary.
The post is not a permanent.
All posts, my lord,
Temporary.
all posts are temporary in the paid scale of pay, lordship kindness. In the
If it is
scale,
temporary post, then how?
in the fixed scale, lordship kind, fixed scale of pay.
Shortcut for the man.
It is a fixed scale.
No shortcut code. My advance is my lord that. Job
Your
similar,
appointment is purely temporary and can be
All my
noted
your
at
lordship
this
saying
point of time without notice, assigning without reasons. you
in
can-
all appointment letter, usual order is appointment letter is there.
So far, so what is your
My
best point?
advance is
Hmm.
all subcontract refugees like the present petitioner working under the revenue department in settlement and concentration organization
Okay.
are revised, getting revised scale of pay under ORC
You want revised?
revised scale of pay.
You don't want regulation.
Now, in the meantime, what the Hon'Ble submit, in the meantime, they regulate, in the meantime, they regulate my services.
Yeah, they regularize now. You should be.
Like
Manner his prayer in the requisition to regularize the service and to extend the benefit.
benefit.
Now they have already been regularized. And from the date of notification, so,
Right.
yes.
Two petitioner regularized. Petitioner one
I
and
don't
two
retire for that.
regularized.
ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା ଆସିଛନ୍ତି ସେ petition regularize ହେଇଛି ତ?
Nice. Out of 3, 2 petitioner service regularized, 1 petitioner retired without being regularized.
ତ return ବେଳକୁ regularize କରିବି।
That ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର Supreme Court judgment ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି your lordship
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି।
better knows.
I don't know.
In this case, ମୁଁ ଦଉଛି।
କୋଉ judgment ରେ କରିବି?
In this case, my lord, in this case, coordinate bench of this honorable court,
Coordinate bench Supreme Court ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ।
nahi, jo so far revision of pay scale of is concerned. So for revision is pay scale ରେ ଦିଟା order ତାଙ୍କର ଦେଖଉଛି board of revenue lordship kindly see annexure 3 page 18. Annexure 3 page 18. Lordship kindly paragraph 3 may I read, ma'am. The terms compromise the following point submission. The JC employees who have been working under the land reforms wings in various tahsils should be included in the gradation list of JC employees who have been working under settlement wing. The said JC employees who have been working under land reform wing in various tahsils should be entitled for revision of pay at par with revised pay of the JC employees who have been working under settlement wing. It is confirmed by the director during the course of hearing that Employees concerned were appointed as JC employees in settlement wing. While they were working under settlement wing, their services were borrowed by the land reform wing for placement of various tahsil. In other words, had their services not been lent to the land reform wings, they would have been continuing to work under settlement consolidation wing. In an eventually, where the services of certain functionary belong to particular category are lent from the parent organization to a borrowing organization, the services right of and interest of the said functionary subsist in the parent organization at par with those of the said category, even while they work under borrowing organization, unless there is clear cut delinked by absorption in the borrowing organization or otherwise. In the instance case, there is no such delinking.
So your revised scale you have not got.
I have not get revised. So that was my revised.
You have been regularized, but you have not got the revised scale.
Two petition are regularized. Petition of
You are now appearing for three.
three
Petition of one.
regularized. Third one not regularized. In the meantime, there is.
Oh,
He
you
retired.
retired.
Last year, he retired. And the coordinated bench of this Hon'Ble court in Annex 10 judgment that relying the government order, that is Board of Revenue order, what I placed, directed to give regular scale of pay as has been given to the counterpart in job contract or employees of settlement and consolidation organization. And that is the Annex 16 to my agenda. Very case, very job contract employees. That is Basant Kumar Das Minor, WPC number 2296 of 21 and others. In the case of Basant Kumar Das and others. Regent of Annex 16.
These are given to the other people who are class 4 employees.
Here the normal regulation should be from the date of order itself. Because initially, prior to that, they were working under job contract.
Passed by the board.
Seta mudi instruction এটা কোন হয়েছে ওটা
They have implemented.
এটা নেম আছে
No challenge, not challenge.
সেটা
They
তো না
implemented. Since they have-
as well all these three persons were appointed
in the counter,
after
they
cut
can
of death.
stand there, only stand in the counter.
But finally, so that
Yes,
now,
that's
now
the-
since after cut of that doesn't make any sense.
Yes.
You have already regularized that.
Yes.
After cut of that, before cut of that doesn't make any sense now. Now, since you have regularized them, now the question is the revised scale of pay, they should get it or not. I
Yes.
think they should get
That,
it.
that part I will opt in instruction is because he has filed in the regent of this order. Whether this order is under challenge or they have complied, let me opt in.
Check it.
Yes,
And other sort of.
yes, yes.
State to find out if the, if any, writ appeal has been filed against the order, against the order letter 15/5/2024 passed in to repetition civil number 2296 of 2021. Fix the matter on 12. Let him get another similar order. Next.
Item 33.
Problem, both order, upon coordinate में order देखी नहीं होती. Order pass कर दे
Stay ହେଇଯାଇଥିବ।
ପୁଣି ମତେ ଆଉ ଥରେ order change କରିବାକୁ ପଡୁଛି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ
ନା, ନା,
ସବୁବେଳେ ନହେଲେ ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ order ଦେଖ ସେଥିପାଇଁ
Supreme Court order ବି ଆଣିଛି।
ମୋର ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ
Retrospective regulation ପାଇଁ Supreme Court order ବି ଅଛି।
ଦେଖିବି
ଅଛି।
May I please, your lordship? Item 33, your lordship had the matter in extension on the last occasion. Your lordship directed me to.
Next week also Mr. Sonam Mishra will send some help. Just now I received this file. He's in this some problem.
Notes of argument may be taken.
Nine, that's what
for that purpose. Next.
34.
34, this is against the Cashew Development Corporation of the state. Mr. M.K. Prada, a government counsel, he appeared in the first date, we have the copy. Now, 2 dates he is not coming. I telephoned him, he said that some triparty will appear. So it is better so that I can take notice so that ପ୍ରହ୍ଲାଦ ସେଦିନ ନେଇଗଲେ ଆଡମିସନ ଡେଟ୍ରେ ସେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ କରିବିନି ସେ କର୍ପୋରେସନ ଆଉ ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ପାର୍ଟି କରିବେ ମୁଁ ବି ଜାଣିନି କିଏ କରିବେ
ପୁରା ନା ନାହିଁ
ନାଇଁ ସେ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରର ବୋଧେ କିଏ ଆସିବ ଆଉ କହିପାରିବି ମୁଁ ପ୍ରହ୍ଲାଦ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କଥା ହେଇଥିଲି କହିଲା ଭାଇନା କିଏ ଆଉ ଜଣେ କିଏ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିବ ମତେ ଆଉ ଦେଲେ ନାହିଁ ସେମାନେ ଆଉ କ୍ଲାସ୍ ହଁ
ଏନକେ ପ୍ରହରାଜ
ଏନକେ ପ୍ରହ୍ଲାଦ ନାଁଟା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ରେ ଥିଲା সেটা নাটা ବି লিস্টে ডিসক্লোজ হଉনি ତେଣୁ ସେ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି କି ଆଉ
କେସି ଡବଲ ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜେସନ ବଞ୍ଚିଛି ନା ମରିଗଲାଣି
କିଏ
ଏ ଅର୍ଗାନାଇଜେସନ
ଅଛି ନା
ଅଛି ବେଶୀ ବେଶୀ ଚାଷବାସ ହଉଛି
ଏରା ହଉଛି ଆଉ କିଛି ଏରିଆ ଅଛି ଆଉ
ମୋଷ୍ଟ ଅଫ ଦ କର୍ପୋରେସନ ଆର୍ ଅଲମୋଷ୍ଟ ଡେଡ୍
ସବୁ କର୍ପୋରେସନ ଲୋକ ଅଫିସର ରହିଲେ ସେୟା ହଉଛି ଆଉ
anyway non appears for the opposite party it is made clear that on the next of this thing no council appears on behalf of the
Notice.
ନୋଟିସ୍
Notice.
ମୁଁ ତ କହିବି
Like nobody is appearing.
ସେ ପ୍ରହ୍ଲାଦ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି
And cause this to be
That's
cannot.
saying let the managing director will appear
ନା ପ୍ରହ୍ଲାଦ ନାଁଟା ବାହାରୁଛି ସେ ଆপিୟର କରିଛନ୍ତି
କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ରେକର୍ଡ ହେଇଛି ସେ ଯେହେତୁ ଲିଷ୍ଟରେ ବାହାରୁନି ସେ ଆସୁନାହାନ୍ତି
Cause list ଆସୁନି ସେ ଜାଣି
କଲ୍ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଆସୁନି ଆମ ସରକାର ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ
NK Praharaj's name appears in the list be
ନୋଟିସ୍ ଯାଇନି
notice any
ନୋଟିସ୍ ଯାଇନି ସେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ରେ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିବ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ରେ ସେ ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରିବ
appear on behalf of the Odisha State on the which reflect his name reflects on 21/12/2023. However, non as appeared it is made clear that on the next date of this shall be present for this court matter on 12th September. Next
35
35.
Your Lordship, kindly have a look to the prayer made by the petition in this writ application at page 13.
You are appearing in this matter for me.
ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଆପଣ ସାର୍ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ତ 22/24 ଯୋଉ ନୂଆ ସର୍କୁଲାର ଆପଣ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଯଦି ନ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଦେଖି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ Sir, the prayer made in this writ application is as follows. Opposite parties 1 and 2, 1 to 3 to sanction and release the regular pension petitioner. So also the other retirement dues, including death cum retirement gratuity and commuted value of the pension, etc. This is relating to the retirement view of the dues of the petitioner. The last circular that has come by the Home Department on 22nd of August 2024, Satinund. I would like to also bring it on record. First page, last second paragraph. In view of the above provisions contained in the OCS Pension Rules 1992, confusion has arisen whether to release the pensionary benefit of a retired government employee against whom a vigilance/criminal case has been registered prior to the date of his retirement, and the concerned magistrate has taken cognizance of the offence after retirement of the government employee. Hence, one such matter had been referred to the Law Department for clarification. It has been clarified by the Law Department that in case where cognizance of the court has been taken for an offense of the government employee after the date of his retirement, it can be stated that no criminal proceeding is deemed to have been pending against him or her at the time of retirement. In view of the above opinion of the Law Department, all the pensions sanctioning authorities working under the administrative control of the Home Department should take steps for disposal of the pending suspension case of the retired government employees against whom vigilance case have been registered prior to the retirement, but cognizance of the court of automatic retirement. This is a case where, my lord, a proceeding was initiated against the petitioner. Your lordship can have a look to annexure 1 at page 15. I'll give it by way of, if your lordship want by way. Oh, sir, I'm sorry. Your lordship can see at page 15. On 21st June 2010, a proceeding was initiated. Thereafter, your lordship can have a look to the annexure 2, statement of was submitted by the petitioner. Ultimately, my lord, the decision was taken at page 32, annexure 4. A punishment of page 33, censure and withholding of 2 annual increment with cumulative effect was imposed on the petitioner. Petitioner did not challenge that, accepted that. Thereafter, my lord, he was made to retire on attaining the age of superannuation 31st of December 2017. This is the important date, my lord. Sir, I accept, it has got no bearing to this. Now I can, 31st December 2017, I was made to retire. Thereafter, I submitted the pension papers and retired, superannuation. No, sir, I was like, I stand corrected. I was, yes, I stand corrected. I was superannuated on 31st of December 2017, attaining the age of superannuation. Annexure 5, my lord, can have a look that I submitted the pension paper, not for approval. Annexure 7, the government placed it to the authorities, and ultimately annexure 8, my lords, can have a look at page 39. Inviting a reference to the letter on the caption subject, I am directed to send you the departmental data set in duplicate for taking further necessary action on processing the proposal for sanction of pensionary benefit in favor of Sri Vijay Krishna Panigrahi, OFS 1 JB retired after etc. of school department. They send it. Now, since it was not, the retractual benefits were not extended in my favor, I approach my lords. A counter has been filed. It was served
Under this petition?
on this petition. The stand taken in the counter, my lord, can have a look, that since a vigilance case has been initiated, a vigilance PS case has been initiated against him, and the same is pending, your lordship can have a look to their own document, the counter document, that is annexure B by 1 at page 8 of the counter. A letter was sent by the Additional Secretary to the Deputy Secretary of Government of GA Vigilance Department, Odisha. Subject, sanction of prosecution against the Ajay Kumar, etc. The name of the petitioner finds Vijay. Yes, my lord. That is why, because my law and friend might not be getting.
I hear there are 2 vigilance cases pending against him.
And
After retirement?
No. In the year 2010, vigilance case were registered.
No.
I guess these are those of vigilance case.
Has been sanction made.
Let me, I guess that is vigilance case. Vigilance case registered in the year 2010. Now, whether cognizance has been taken prior to his retirement or after retirement, that's to be seen.
If cognizance
Has been taken
prior to retirement, it's okay. But
Yes.
before
Then
retirement,
this new regulation is applicable.
Yes.
And the pension paying authority.
cognizance can
Say that is Daniel.
That's Satyake, my learned friend, I want to refresh his memory. Annexure B by 1, 22nd September 2020, my lord. They sought, retired on 31st of December 2017. Now the sanction is sought for to proceed against the officer.
sanction in 2020.
Sanction, after getting sanction, the prosecution will start and cognizance will be taken.
And the post retirement.
Yes.
This posted, that is what I wanted to place. Exactly, my lord.
Recently, this circular has come. So let me approach the pension paying authority.
Why should I?
That's the last paragraph you have to come to.
No, I'm pending here.
This is your. Okay. We'll provide.
Yes.
I'm a retired man. I'll be strictly dragging on.
Vigilance cases are pending.
Because the vigilance case, you have clear clarified.
Recently, this on only on
2010 ରେ ଆପଣ case lodge କରିବେ ଆଉ cognizance ନେବେ
20 ରେ।
2020 ରେ। What kind of vigilance department?
that part
You are tom-tomming that you are the best department.
that part is absent. Whether cognizance taken after
10 8 ବର୍ଷ
ସେଟା ହଉଥିଲା ଆଗରୁ ବହୁତ ଦିନ ହଉଥିଲା ଏବେ ହେଇଯାଉଛି।
I have asked for that council to give me a list. How many years you have taken in the one investigation? The list of it for the year last 10 years sir kete kete korchandi se doun khali bulochandi round round.
Again, up to late of 2024, the state government could realize the mistake. My lord, my friends should come forward to support the case of the state government.
Promotion gala suppose kali so look found nothing. Got waste.
So मर जाइए sir.
वंचित लेवे का benefit किस पाइसा से पाइले ना. Many officers that's why they still cover business scam.
Exactly, sir. I thought that my learned friend will act in favor of the government.
Okay. You want to give a note?
Yes.
A note of submission.
One next.
9. You also give me a note.
Yes, sir. I will give, sir, I will give only 2 pages note.
Okay.
Sir, another case 30157/20 maybe tagged because same thing. The name has been reflected in the yes, along with 3017/20. Nice, sir. Lagini must pray kurchi. Aଜ୍ଞା ସେଇଟା ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ଏକା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡେରେ ମୁଁ ତାକୁ 2 ପେଜ ଦେଇଦେବି ସେ ଦ୍ୟାଟ
ମଣ୍ଡେ
ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଦେ ତାରିଖରେ ମଣ୍ଡେ କେତେ
ମଣ୍ଡେ 12 ତାରିଖ କରିଛି 12
yes sir ମାନେ ସେପ୍ଟେମ୍ବର କହୁଛନ୍ତି ସାର୍ ସେପ୍ଟେମ୍ବର ସେକେଣ୍ଡ yes yes no problem ଆପଣ ଥାର୍ଡ ରଖନ୍ତୁ ଥାର୍ଡ ରହୁ ସାର୍ along with WBC number 30157/20. मुझे announcement देवी sir. I'll give that copy along with that.
Next. That is the only. This will help you.
Yes, ma'am.
They are own policy.
They have. Of late, the government has realized that they are harassing the employees.
They realize after 10 years.
Yes, I know. That's the only difficulty.
Next.
36.
सीधा कथा रूल बने देवा कथा.
Okay.
High Court should pass a rule. 3 वर्ष भीतर तो देई पारला ने ताले that case needs to be.
Yes, case is something different. You are nothing. You have to take.
I'm not saying okay.
After वर्ष sir, we have been put to suffering.
Delinquent employee. जल्दी खत्म करो. That is also see. Keeping just pending it for 7 years, 8 years.
Yes, sir.
Unnecessary employees harassed.
Sure, item 36. I'm for the petitioner. 36.
Yeah.
File.
Non-appeals for the 10. 37.
37.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm from the petitioner. Your Lordship,
Prepared?
sir?
Are you prepared?
Yes, Your Lordship.
I think it's okay. Yes.
Your Lordship, this is the case for insurance claim. Your Lordship, petitioner has insured two insurance. For one is he insured home loan and second one is for his life.
Land.
Life. Petitioner's husband.
Home loan insurance.
Home loan insurance. Simultaneously in one policy. That is home loan is for 26.
For home.
Insurance for home.
Home. For any kind of your
Damage,
earthquake,
fire.
lightning, blah blah blah. Right? That is all.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And what other?
But subsequently, the petitioner's husband died on
3rd June 2021.
The petitioner husband had taken that into policy, right?
Yes, yes, your
So he
lordship.
died on,
3rd June 2021.
okay. Then,
And subsequently, 2 death certificates are issued by the medical authorities. One is mentioned that he's dead. His death is occurred due to COVID-19, and one is mentioned that the death is occurred due to head injury.
Head
Due to lack of post-mortem report, no one is ascertain the cause of death.
because of COVID postmortem was not taken, right?
Yes, your lordship.
Then, what is the problem? Come to the problem state. Now I understand your issue. What is the problem?
So the insurance company is not cooperating and not paying the insurance.
What are they saying?
They're saying that you are not lost the FR, and the death is due to the death is due to COVID-19, and so the COVID-19 is not coming on under the life.
Supposed to lodge FR for COVID-19. I don't think.
No,
That's a-
they're telling that FR should be lost due to
Only
head
you will
injury.
get a certificate for the COVID death. You obtained that certificate?
Yes, your lordship.
What is that?
Your lordship. In
Death
Annexure
certificate comes
3,
from
page number 30.
Annexure 3. Yes, hospital MKCG, hospital, Ganjam, Rohit Kumar Pradhan, CDMO Ganjam. Death, yes. So they are saying, or they are not responding to you?
No, so I said they are filed a counter claim counter affidavit also.
What do they say?
Said that there is no postmortem report, and
Once death certificate has been issued by the authority, why the postmortem report is required, sir? Sir, if the CDMO, these of the CDMO Ganjam has issued death certificate, why do you
Right,
need
sir.
some postmortem report again?
Yes.
At that time, during the COVID death, who was doing the postmortem?
Yes, yes, my lord.
Yes.
If it is a COVID death, the death.
If this is
death
the
due
COVID
to-
death issue, to whom shall you believe? The CDMO has issued the.
I am deeply obliged. I also want to focus that it is a death of COVID, so it is not covered under the policy. COVID only.
COVID death is not covered.
Yes, it is not covered under the policy. Policy is exhibit annexure, sir.
Now come to the policy. Let's see the policy.
Yes, yes, yes.
Page.
Sir, page. Policy starts from page 25 of the writ petition.
25.
Sir.
25.
Page 25.
Okay. Come to which
sir, schedule of the policy.
Where are you reading?
Yes, that is schedule.
Let's see.
Sir, that table. The first table, sir, first table. Kindly appreciate the.
Where is that table, sir? Show me.
Sir, from the top, 1, 2,
page,
3,
page
4,
page
5,
25.
6, 7, 8.
The first.
Sir, page 25. Page 25. That first schedule, serial number 8. Schedule sum insured. Sum insured. Your lordship got it? Section 1 says 26 lakhs for the building. This is not a claim for building. There is no damage.
Live is also covered, no?
Then next is on section 2 on person 26 lakhs. So now let us. I will draw your.
Sir, I am first focus on the live. Then we'll go to building.
Yes.
First focus on the live.
Question of going to building does not arise because no loss has been caused to damage caused to the building.
Sir, Rohan Tuna.
Page 29.
First, let's focus on the live. Then we'll go to the building.
Yes.
We are going to the building first.
Sir, page 29, page
In
29,
in your
page 29, sir.
policy,
Page 29.
in your policy, just a minute, sir.
Sir,
In your policy paper, where does it reflect that the COVID-19 cannot be considered under the policy?
29, sir. Page 29.
Yes,
What
sir.
is covered, that is mentioned there. Not that COVID-19 is excluded. What is covered, page 29, sir.
What is
Section
that?
2,
Page 29 quota.
section
What on
2.
to?
Sir, right side, section 2, personal accident. This is not a life insurance policy. This is a PA policy, personal accident policy. So this says, sir, subject to the terms, exclusions, definitions, and conditions contained herein, they are endorsed or otherwise expressed, the company will pay the insured as here under. So what is the contingency, under which contingency we can pay it? Sir, if at any time during the pendency of the policy, during currency of the policy, the insured borrower shall sustain bodily injury resulting solely and directly from an accident caused by external violent and visible means, then the company shall pay to the insured or the borrower's legal representatives, as the case
Sir,
may
head
be,
injury thila. Head
as
injury.
the sum hereinafter set forth, that is to say, if such injury shall within 12
head
calendar
injury
months
achi,
of
sir.
the occurrence, sir.
So please refer to the reason
So,
annexure 1 series.
sir, let me complete my learned friend. Please, let me complete.
Oh, yeah, please.
Sir. So only under this exigency, if the insured person died due to an accident, due to an injury caused by an accident, then only the policy covers. That is why it is called PA policy, personal accident claim policy. So, COVID, it is not like that common COVID policy. Normally, many times I have argued before my lords in that context. It is not a COVID coverage policy. So, it is only only this on this contingency, that is if
So
he
you are
died,
saying only accident is covered, not the any other type of.
obliged. If you say it is an accident, then you have to support that by supplying FIR, by supplying PM report, so that the insurer can be sure that yes,
how,
it is.
How the head injury comes? Okay, just a minute. How
So,
the head injury comes?
Sir,
Sir, just a minute, I understood. What you said. Just a minute.
so first से bathroom में पड़ी के actually तार head injury ହେଇଥିଲା ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତାକୁ hospital ନିଆ ହେଇଥିଲା.
Head injury ହେଲେ ତାର postmortem report ଦରକାର.
Postmortem report.
Accident ନେଲି କେମିତି କହିବି? ଘର ଭିତରେ ଗୋଡ଼ ମଦ ଖାଇକି ପଡିଯିବ ଆଉ କଣ ସେଟା ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦରକାର ନା?
Sir, report ଅଛି annexure 1
PM report କାଇଁ?
head injury PM report तो नहीं बाकी head injury बोली mention है annexure 1 रे.
Accidental policy ना?
Sir, accidental policy but फिर sir please
ଘରଟା କଣ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଘରଟା ଲେଖିଛି ସେଟା କଣ ହେଲା? ଘରର କଣ?
ଘର ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ଇଏ କରୁନା ଆମେ
ଖାଲି
ଖାଲି
accident
accident. Sir, actually
accident କେମିତି ଆସିବ?
sir ଏଠି ଆମର life insurance council of India declare କରିଛନ୍ତି, please go to annexure 4 page number 31.
Different ई कंपनी अलगा कंपनी यांकर ना?
General insurance company.
GIC. और declare କରିଛନ୍ତି?
Declare କରିଛନ୍ତି कि all life insurance both public and private are committed to process any death claim pertaining to COVID-19 at the earliest.
Any death claim.
तो any death claim ही परिव ना?
Mr. Sahu,
sir,
she has a valid point.
So that I have gone through that
during the COVID period.
Yes.
The
life insurance council.
The life IRD IRD
life insurance council of India declare କରିଛନ୍ତି.
So
As a council.
yes, sir, that.
If any death, if the death is due to COVID, then they should cover.
No,
the
sir.
high-
Yeah, I am not a life insurance company. That resolution has no application so far as the GI companies are concerned. It's a general insurance company. Life insurance and general insurance, two distinct things, and I need not express by your lordship what is the difference between the both two. So it has no application. Sir, here they have tried to make out a case by saying that he sustained injury in a bathroom. It's a absolutely false and fabricated claim just to attract the PA claim, just to attract the PA claim under the policy. Such a story has been set up. I have adequate evidence, documents I have filed, which have been also supplied by the petitioner herself. It's, sir, first, that Annexure 3. Annexure 3, page 30 of the writ petition. Kindly see, it is a document, official document for COVID-19. So he died due to COVID-19. Here, he says, this is expired at so-and-so hospital. This death is registered by the registration number so-and-so. The COVID-19 death ascertaining committee hereby certify that the said person died due to COVID-19. So this is clear that he died due to COVID-19.
So-
Then, sir, what happened? Sir, next, sir, I am drawing to your lordship's kind attention to my counter. Sir,
That I
counter.
understood. Okay, I understood that. You have understood that what he says.
Yes,
Sir, that-
yes, sir.
So he says, that- just a minute.
Sir.
He says that there is a, so you are not party to that, the insurance council?
No.
You are not party to the insurance council?
No, sir. No.
Insurance Council of India?
No. That is confined to life insurance only. That is confined to life insurance. Not to, it is applicable to GIC.
Not getting covered.
Sir,
You take time and find out something more. Get something better.
sir, there
So
are
far, you have not
two,
been able to impress me.
sir, there are two medical certificates. One is COVID-19 and other one is showing head injury.
Injury, but medical certificate क्या हुआ?
Sir, postmortem report ଆମେ କେମିତି କରିଥାନ୍ତୁ COVID-19 ରେ? postmortem ତ ହଉନଥିଲା ନା ସେ time ରେ.
Have the point. Anyway, come prepared. Hala, give a good note and give me. I am fixing Monday. Huh?
Monday? No, sir, please fix it after 9.
After
9 September.
9 September, 10th.
Huh?
10th, you are comfortable?
10th or 11th? 11th.
10th. What is your name?
Jewel Das. Jewel Das.
Jewel Das.
So, actually, my name is somebody full print.
Full. Give it to me. नहीं.
Sir.
Jewel.
Jewel.
What is Jewel? Pronunciation is wrong, then your pronunciation is wrong. It should be Jewel.
Oh,
Jewel.
sorry,
करना क्यों दिया हुआ?
There is Jewel only.
Should be Jewel. Jewel. Pronounce jewelry.
Jewelry.
That's wrong pronunciation.
Jewelry.
Right pronunciation jewelry.
Jewelry.
Jewelry. Jew asibo. Jew. So naam should start with Jew. Anyway.
Sir, Bartarik. 12th September.
10.
Sir, Bartarik. असुविधा होगी. Bartarik sir.
Okay, 12 ठीक है.
Obliged sir.
Okay.
Obliged you lot.
Okay. DB salabar में बस
Okay, sir.
After DB, I'll see.
My lord, pardon.
अरे वहाँ तो
Morning they mention करती your lordship has to give the memo, demolition matter after getting.
DB salabar बस.
My lord, item number 40, notice was issued, bank has appeared. They have not filed their counter.
Okay. I am fixing it out.
I have nothing to file because it is completely a surface action.
Item
40, my lord.
Let, my lord, your lordship has issued notice, granted interim order.
You want to file something?
They are not willing to
My
file.
lord, it is I just want to show that starting from the 13 to notice, it has the end with the possession notice. That is
Yeah, money. So.
Again?
Pipe तो ये फाइल आसिला बिना फाइल आसिले मु करबिनी नो नो तुम घर भांगी जो जाय बिना फाइल मु केति करबी डिफेक्ट क्योर कल बिल्कुल समय भांगल तम घर तम बुझ हां किए तम सरकार जागे माडी बस कहले बिना नंबरिंग बिना फाइल न पागरे में करबी नहीं डिफेक्ट क्योर कले लगा आनो फाइल नहीं दे फाइल
आसेनी काली पे से कहूँ
खाली लगरी चढ़ियो तो ताल ठीक अछि काली फास्ट
item 38
Yes,
Your lordship may go through the previous order.
Your lordship,
On 12th July 2024, your lordship may kindly go through the previous order.
what is the order
On the notice was already sufficient on OP 1 and 5. 5 is this headquarters of the Sahara India. And your lordship directed if they don't appear within 4 weeks, the matter will be proceeded ex parte. Now still
it के अपना कहाँ पे
Your lordship, I'm OP number 5. And as per instruction of the Sahara India Commercial Corporation, we have received the notice before 2 days. And today I have the submission memo. Your lordship kindly provides a very short date, 2 or 3 days. I will submit the power with the counter, your lordship. No, only 5, your lordship. 5. Yes. Because lordship, the companies they give only submitted to the only one power. Because your lordship.
No, I want to know. Let's go to
order dated at 12.
Who is 5, sir?
5, your lordship, the Sahara India Commercial Corporation Limited, MD, your lordship.
Huh?
MD, Sahara India Commercial Corporation Limited. And
Just
two,
let me-
yes, lordship.
Let me check. You are for the 5.
Yes, your lordship.
So all Sahara India.
Yes,
So you are
lordship.
appearing for the
Yes,
Sahara
yes,
India.
yes.
Let him today he has come. Let him.
Yes, sir. Within
When
2
you
or
have
4
written
days.
that,
They have not appeared yet.
Your lordship, I have.
he yet
Let
come, he is
let him
asking for-
appear, but your lordship may declare OP number 1 expert. They have not appeared yet.
Who is opinion one?
National Insurance Company.
National Insurance Company has any role here.
Yes,
What is his role?
is the main party. Direction has been given.
National Insurance Company की appeal करती है?
কি করনা
हम तो एठी की appeal करे पछाची
पीके
पीके महाली दियंतु गोटे कॉपी मिस्टर पीके महाली गोटे कॉपी दियंतु for the petitioner to submit to serve a copy of the writ petition on Mr. P.K. Mahali, who usually appears for National Insurance Company. अब आज ही दे दें कॉपी है ना I am fixing a date after 1 week. Huh?
Highly alleged.
So 5th September.
Highly
Okay. कॉपी दे दें तो आज ही.
item 41
41.
I pay some time may be given. I will file counter. I am appearing for the corporation.
Insurance corporation, ESIC. Okay.
ESI corporation.
Okay. 4 weeks time granted for the ESI Party Corporation. File the reply list matter 27 September.
Interim
Next.
order to contact.
Next.
Interim order to contact.
Interim order to contact. Next.
item 43
43. 43.
Please, your lordships, I'm appearing for the
Yeah,
petitioner.
Petitioner.
Yes, your lordships.
Which for the university?
My lords, I am for the university. On the last occasion, your lordship had passed orders for production of the documents. But unfortunately,
What is the document?
the documents, the records of the students filling of the form, etc. But I have got instructions from the university that by the office order dated 21/2016, by the decision of the syndicate, the records have been lifted.
Lifted mean?
As waste and old records.
After how many years?
That they actually
After what is the period?
the period,
There is a preservation period
the
must be
pre-
there.
they-
What is the preservation
it's
period?
it's 4 years, and this being 2012, by order dated 16, all the records from 2012, etc., was lifted. This is a privileged communication between me and my client, but your lordship can have access. That's the order by which it was lifted. The other enclosures are one addressed to me and other is.
Then you pay. If you lifted, you face the consequence. 5 lakh you have to pay.
No, that
Get ready for payment.
no, that what your lordship says.
That you're lifting or destroying the record is not going to save you.
No, but what I would like to place before your lordship is, your lordship may for a moment look at the prayer.
My lord.
6 years.
6 years, my lord.
Period of 6 years.
And
This is a period for 3 years.
6 years.
No.
3 years.
3 years course. 3 years
course,
course.
my lord.
Course is for 3 years.
Yes.
It took another 3 years.
And he took note of the situation in 2013. He never inquired about that.
Forget it, inquire, but is it not the duty of the university?
That is fine. What your lordship says, I bow down to that.
It is not the duty.
But here on the last occasion,
How
I
you argue the matter, madam? Please.
Well, the petitioner prosecuted his study in 3 years, 2004 to 7.
Then 4 to 7.
4 to 7. He had obtained Sanskrit honors along with the elective paper Indian Political 1 and 2, Politics 1 and 2. After successfully completing the said course, he appeared at the final 3 years degree course in arts conducted by the OP number 2 in 2007. But this result was withheld on wrong promises, causing a lot of harassment to him. Having no alternative, the
Why the result is there?
2007, my lord.
Why the result was there?
My lord, with wrong promises, my lord.
What is the wrong from? Why?
my lord, see if I am allowed to interrupt. I have stated in the counter that on the last occasion I had submitted with your lordship that the wrong filling up of the elective subject by the candidate rose to all these problems. So his honors was Sanskrit.
But sir, wrong filling, but fail him something. Upon fail kore debe, suppose good paper fail egala koibe. Upon not that result bahari bandar.
No. What the procedure is, your lordship is aware of that. Once there is a wrong detected, it becomes.
Wrong code detect hala.
It was because of the wrong filling of the forms, the tabulation register, the wrong information went to the tabulation register. And once it was detected, as your lordship knows, it is kept withheld for time. And on detection about all these things, it was declared in 2012.
So what is you don't have record, wrong fill course like record
that was the that was the reason why I submitted before lordship that the records would be produced. But as per procedure, the records have been destroyed or lifted. So that is my predicament here.
But what to do? The person has suffered.
And to go to the next submission of mine is your lordship may kindly.
So final result was published when
2013.
2012.
Published the petitioner result issuing provisional certificate signed by the principal JKB College on 9/11/2013.
31/10/2012. My lord, your lordship.
That result you passed.
Pass.
That was 12. 13 is wrong.
Pass. Acha. Bhul gala phir pass कैसे bhul gala?
No.
Automatic.
No, he had filled up wrong, but he.
No, my question is, if he had filled up wrong, something great wrong has been committed by him.
Right.
Then how could you again pass him?
No. What I submitted before lordship just now, once something wrong is detected, the result is.
Sorry. 6 years. Right kindi hela.
No, the result is
wrong to hi thila. 6 years right kindi hegala pass.
No. What I am trying to put before your lordship is, once any kind of defect is or wrong is detected, it is kept withheld. First.
Withheld hala just. Withheld
for
ମୋ କଥା ବୁଝିଲେ ଆପଣ ସଡନଲି କେମିତି ଜାଗିଲେ
Thereafter, your lordship may come to the first annexure 1 of the writ petition, where he came to this honorable court, and this honorable court directed for publication of the result.
This honorable director to dispose this matter within 4 weeks, but they have not complied this order, my lord.
So it was by dint of the order of this honorable court.
when did you come to this court?
That
This
is-
writ petition or some
in-
other writ petition?
No, some other.
Some other
petition
person.
disposed
In 2012, I have filed
He came in 2012.
opposite party number 1 and 2 admit that due to certain lapse of the official level of the petitioner, result was withheld.
সেটা তো ফাইল করে তা because
আগে
by dint of that order of this high court, then they published the result in 2013.
2013.
2012 end.
এটা কোন পাই ফাইল
October
2013 এ সমান
এটা কোন পাই ফাইল করলে? Why did you file this?
এক্সাম দেবার 6 বর্ষ পরে যেতে রেজাল্ট ভালো
এটা কোন পাই ফাইল করলে পচারছি?
only for compensation, my lord. The career 6 বর্ষ নষ্ট হয়ে গেলে অলরেডি
কোন করতে?
যে স্টুডেন্ট ভাই
ଏବେ কোন କରନ୍ତି ପଚାରছি?
সে কিছু করুনি
কোন এতে বড় ব্রাইট স্টুডেন্ট 6 বছর ক্যারিয়ার নষ্ট হয়ে গেল কোন করে বুঝি কোন শুনানি?
সে ইলিজিবল ହେଇ ପାରୁନି କୌଣସି ଯେତେବେଳେ 13 ବର୍ଷରେ ତାର ବାହାରି ଗଲା ସେ ପାସ୍ ହେଇଛି ବୋଲି କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଇଲିଜିବଲ ହେଲେ ବି ତା ପାଖରେ କୌଣସି ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ନଥିଲା ଯେ ଏକ୍ସାମ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ
13 ରୁ 24 ରେ କୋନ କରୁଛି ମତେ ଦେଖ
ଏବେ 32 ଇୟର୍ସ ତାକୁ ହେଇଗଲା
ଏବେ ସିନା 32 13 ତ 33 ହେଇ ନଥିଲା ନା?
ନୋ ନୋ
ଏବେ କୋନ କରୁଛି ଏତେ ବ୍ରିଲିୟଣ୍ଟ ସ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ ଏବେ କୋନ କରୁଛି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ତା କ୍ୟାରିୟର ଏତେ ନଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲା ପରେ ସବୁ ଲାଇଫ ଟା ଅଧେ ଚପଟ ହେଇଗଲା ତ ସେ 13 ରୁ 20 ତକ 10 ବର୍ଷ ଯାଏ ସେ କଲା କଣ ସେ ଡିଗ୍ରୀ କଣ ଇସ୍ତେମାଲ କଲା ସେ 10 ବର୍ଷରେ କହିଲେ କୋଉଠି ଚାକିରି ପାଇଲା କୋଉଠି କଣ କଲା ସେ କଣ କରୁଛି ଏବେ what is he doing? What is he doing?
ଏବେ କଣ କରୁଛି ଟା ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଟା ନାହିଁ
କିଛି କରୁନଥିବ arts pass na honors pass
Sanskrit honors
Sanskrit honors କିନ୍ତୁ pass ହେଲା କାହିଁକି ସେ କ୍ୱାଲିଫାଇ କଲେ ନାହିଁ honors
ये केबे immediately filed in 2014
2014
and the other
result publication 2013
the other writ application was 2012. The first writ application filed was
2012 order
it was published on 31/10/2012. He is repeatedly saying 13. My counter is the result of the same was published on 31/10/2012.
okay giving written note of submission there
short date में भी given
short date में भी नहीं 2 दिन टाइम देवी मंडे दे सुधा दिया हला मंडे आते लगा प्रिपेयर करा दिया फटाफट
Your Lordship, for a moment, I would bring to your kind notice on order of this honorable court as regards the limited jurisdiction of the honorable court in granting compensation. Your Lordship may kindly come to paragraph.
कितना compensation grant
No, that I am aware of. Your Lordship has passed an order in Sambalpur University. In Sambalpur University.
5 lakh करची
Yes,
case I filed
no.
एटा मु मानवे बाध्य न सिंगल जज मूवी
No.
in this case
I was trying to bring to your Lordship notice as a persuasive value, having some persuasive value, that's all. That apart, your Lordship may kindly come to my counter.
mo gane if a person has suffered a wrong why should he not get compensation?
But
He has suffered a
your
wrong.
Lordship may vis-a-vis, your Lordship may kindly see vis-a-vis his conduct.
What
He
conduct?
comes to the court in 2012.
ଯଦି ସେ ଆପଣ ତାକୁ ଜଣେଇଲେନି ଆପଣ ସେ ପାର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ କୁ ଠିକ କରି କରିଦେଲେ ବୋଲି ଆପଣ କଣ କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଯଦି ଭୁଲ ଲେଖିଦେଲା ସେ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ କୁ କହିଦେଇଥାନ୍ତେ ଏଇ ପିଲାର ଏମିତି ଭୁଲ ହେଇଛି ଠିକ ଠାକ କରିକି ପଠେଇଥାନ୍ତେ କରିପାରିଥାନ୍ତେ ନା କାଇଁ କଲେନି ଆପଣ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ତ ଭଗବାନ ଆଉ କିଛି କରିବେନି ଚେଞ୍ଜ
No, your
କଣ
Lordship.
କରନ୍ତି ଆମେ ଜାଣିନୁ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ମାନଙ୍କୁ ପଇସା ଦେଲେ କଥା ହେବେ ବେଶୀ କଥା କହୁଛନ୍ତି
No, your Lordship.
5 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେୟ
No, your Lordship may kindly visualize.
କ୍ଲାର୍କ ମାନେ ସେମାନେ ପୁରା ନବାବରୁ କମ ନାହିଁ
No, your Lordship may kindly visualize while dealing with.
he has suffered he has to get compensation don't say everything.
Your Lordship may kindly to look at his prayer. The prayer in the writ application is.
Whatever prayer ମୁଁ ବିନା prayer ବାହାରେ ବି ଯାଇକି ଦେଇପାରିବି I have the power under 226
To that I have replied in my counter that that is only possible for him in the common law forum.
ଓ କମନ ଲ ଫର୍ମ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଦିଆଯାଇପାରିବ ରିଟ୍ କୋର୍ଟ ଖୁସିରେ ଦିଆଯାଇପାରିବ କି କଣ କମନ ଲ କଣ କମନ ଲ
what I was trying to place before your lordship to persuade your lordship for the
Bilkul nahi, sir.
reason that
If he has suffered wrong, you will get this. And এই যে judgment দেখুଛନ୍ତି এটা ମୁଁ ମାନିବା ବାଧ୍ୟ ନୁହେଁ।
that in regard to his,
I have my different view.
no,
If a person
I bow down to
suffered
that.
wrong,
I bow
if
down.
a person has suffered a wrong, this procedural common law, that law, this law shall not restrain him to get.
No, I bow down to that. But your lordship may kindly keep
Order
in
is
view.
order.
I mean, this is a final judgment, my
keep
lord,
in view.
by this past.
Your
You
lordship may
keep the copy.
Man.
Written note of submission.
Obliged.
your lordship may kindly keep in view the
You have read my judgment, this judgment.
Judgment, my
I have gone, I have.
Sambalpur University. Sambalpur University. I have gone.
I have given a lot of example here.
There.
How I should interfere,
No.
I can, I have written here.
But there, your lordship has found glaring illegality
This is
with
a
the
glaring, this is glaring.
conduct of the
ଆଜ୍ଞା, ମତେ
university.
ଗୋଟେ କଥା କହିଲେ ଆପଣ କୋଉ ଭଗବାନ କି ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ବାଲା ଯଦି ସେ ପିଲାଟା ଭୁଲ କଲା ସପୋଜ ଭୁଲ ଦେଇଦେଲେ
Definitely.
ସେ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ କୁ ଆପଣ କହିଦେଇଥାନ୍ତେ ଭାଇ ତମ କଲେଜରୁ ଏଟା ଏମିତି ଗୋଟେ ଆସିଛି ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ମୋ କଥା ଶୁଣ
My lords.
ହଁ ତମ କଲେଜରୁ ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ ଭୁଲ ଅଛି ଏ ପିଲାକୁ ଡାକି ଠିକ କରିପାରିଥାନ୍ତେ କାହିଁ କଲେନି ଆପଣ ଜଷ୍ଟ 6 ବର୍ଷ ୱେଟ୍ କଲେ ଏତିକି କରିପାରିଥାନ୍ତେ ନା ନାଇଁ
No.
ଏଟା କରିବେନି ଆପଣ ପିଲା ଖାଲି ଭୁଲ ହେଇଗଲା ସେଟା ଧରିକି ବସିଥିବେ ଆପଣ ଭୁଲଟା ଦେଖିବେନି ଆପଣ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟିରେ ଏଟା ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟିରେ କଣ ଆପଣ ରୋଲ ନୁହେଁ ସେଟା ଯେ ପିଲାଙ୍କୁ ଆସିଷ୍ଟ କରିବାରେ
No. The forms,
how come
the
this?
procedure is the forms are filled up.
ଯଦି ସେୟା ଲାଗିଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସେମିତିଆ ଗୋଟେ ଇଏ ହେଇଛି ଭୁଲ ହେଇଛି ଆପଣ କହିପାରିଥାନ୍ତେ ଯେ ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲକୁ ଏଇଟା ଠିକ କରିଦେବେ
No, form is filled up by the candidate in the college and that is sent to the university. And your lordship may kindly visualize procedural problem. While dealing with lakhs and lakhs of students, things go otherwise. So that's
and that if things are there, then you should have ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସେ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଥିଲା ସେ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟିକୁ କହିଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି ଯେ ଏଇ ରିଜନ ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ରେଜଲ୍ଟ ୟାର ୱିଥହେଲ୍ଡ କଲୁ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ତାର କଲେଜକୁ ଜଣେଇ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି
no, when
କଲେଜକୁ ଆପଣ ଜଣେଇଥିଲେ
no, your lordship may kindly come to the.
ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରୋସିଡର ଧରିକି ଆପଣ ପ୍ରୋସିଡର କ୍ୟାନ୍ ବି ରିଲାକ୍ସ also
that I bow down to what your lordship says. But
help the student, not to harass the student.
No. That I have stated in my counter also. The motto of the university is to help the students.
Motto of the university is harass everybody. Motto of the university is take money. Motto of the university is do all kind of alteration in marks for the helps to people who are high ups.
No, what your lordship says, I bow down to that. That's the other part of the story. But that's the other part of the story. But withheld WH. My lord, it is WHO, meaning withheld for other reasons.
So other reasons ଆପଣ କଲେଜ କୁ ଜଣେଇଲେ କି ସେ କଲେଜ କୁ ଜଣେଇଥିଲେ anyway I reserve the order ଆପଣ ପଇସା ଦେବେ ରେଡି ଥାନ୍ତୁ 5 ଲାખ ମିନିମମ୍
Your lordship,
କୋର୍ଟ କୁ ଆଇଲା ଏମିତିଆ କେସ୍ ମାନେ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ମାନେ ଯାହା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଟଲରେଟ୍
your lordship may kindly take note of my submissions.
Just harassing the students.
No, your lordship may kindly take note of my submissions as regards compensation. He should have approved the that I have stated in my counter.
Read court can do that.
And
I have already given read court ବହୁତ ଦିଆ ହେଇଛି ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ତକ ବି ସେଟା କନଫର୍ମ ହେଇଛି ଆପଣ ଯଦି you are not happy you can go to supreme court ଆପଣ କାଉନସିଲ ମାନେ ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ 4-5ଟା ଅଛନ୍ତି ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କେସ୍ ସୁପ୍ରିମ କୋର୍ଟ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରିବ ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ଦେଖିବେ 101% ମୁଁ ଏତେ କନଫର୍ମ କହୁଛି this will not be interfered by the
no, what your lordship says, I bow down to that. But
ଛୁଇଁବନି
while
ବଢିଆ ଦେଇଛି ବଢିଆ
no, while arguing for my client, I have to do justice to that.
You have not you. I am talking about your client.
My lords.
Why should you? I have nothing to say against you. The universities are really doing that. They are.
No, what your lordship says, that's a different part of the story. That's a darker part of the darker side of the
university को कहवे आपण university वाला को VC को कहवे. Though personally I know VC, still I am telling you. So ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସବୁ କଲେଜରେ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲ୍ପ ଡେସ୍କ ରଖନ୍ତୁ ପିଲାଙ୍କର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ପାଇଁ ହେଲ୍ପ ଡେସ୍କ ଖୋଲନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଡେସ୍କ କଣ କରିବ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ କଣ୍ଟାକ୍ଟ କରିବ ଆଜିକାଲି ସେମିତି ତ ବହୁତ କଲେଜ ଅଟୋନମସ୍ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ଅଳ୍ପ କଲେଜ ବଞ୍ଚିଛି ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ଅଣ୍ଡରରେ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ତେଣୁ ସବୁ ହେଲ୍ପ ଡେସ୍କ ରଖନ୍ତୁ ପିଲାଙ୍କର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ଯାହା ହେଲା ସେ ହେଲ୍ପ ଡେସ୍କ ଗୋଟେ ନୋଡାଲ ଅଫିସର ରହିବ ନୋଡାଲ ଅଫିସର କ୍ଲିୟର କରିବ କିଛି ଡାଉଟ୍ ହେଲା ଆପଣ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ତାକୁ ଆସିବ ମ୍ୟାଟର ସଲ୍ଭ ପିଲାଙ୍କର ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ସଲ୍ଭ ସେଟା କରିବେନି ଆପଣ ଖାଲି ଆପଣ ହେଲା ଆମେ ଆପଣ ତ ଭଗବାନ ନବାବ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ବାଲା ନବାବ ଆଉ ସେ କ୍ଲାର୍କ ଗୋଟେ ଥାନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣରରୁ କମ ନାହିଁ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣର ତଳ ପଡିଯିବେ ତାଙ୍କ ଉପରେ ସେମାନେ
What my lord says is correct, but
ଆପଣ ନିଜେ ଦେଖିଥିବେ
ସେଇ ସିଚୁଏସନ ଟା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଟିକେ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ
କିଛି
ହେଇଗଲାଣି।
ନାହିଁ ସାର୍ ସେଇ ସିଚୁଏସନ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ କରିଛି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ତ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି କ୍ଲାର୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କଥା ହେଇପାରିବେ ସେ ଏମିତି ମାନେ ଆପଣ ଇଏ କରିବେ ଯେମିତି ଆପଣ
ନାଇଁ ପିକ୍ଚର ଚେଞ୍ଜ ନାଉ
नो
ପିକ୍ଚର
चेंज
ଚେଞ୍ଜ ନାଉ
नथिंग चेंज सर କୋଉ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଛି ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଗଲା ତ ରାମରାଜ୍ୟ ହେଇଗଲା କିଛି ଚେଞ୍ଜ ନାହିଁ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ବଦଳିବେନି କେବେ ବିଲକୁଲ ସେ ସାଇଡରେ ଡାକିବେ ଏଇ ଟିକେ ଆଇଲୁ ଆଇଲୁ ସାଇଡରେ ଡାକିବେ ହଁ 2000 ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇଦେ ମୁଁ କରିଦେବି ଏଇଆ ହୁଏ ଦେଖିଛୁ ପର୍ସନ ଆମେ ବାହାରକୁ ଆସିନି ଏମିତି ପଇସା ମାଗନ୍ତି ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଦେଇଦେଲେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କାମ ହେଇଯିବ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ 15ଟା 51 ବି ହେଇଯିବ ବେଶୀ ସମୟ ଲାଗିବନି
Your lordship knows
15 51 ହବାର ବେଶୀ ସମୟ ଲାଗେନି 15ଟା କେତେ 95 ବି ହେଇଯିବ ଦରକାର ପଡ଼ିଲେ ଏମିତି କଥା ବୁଲେଇଦେଲେ ନାହିଁ
those things act as a paperweight. So
ସବୁ କଥା
what your lordship says is not wrong, but here is a case where there was
ଆଉ
not much of
एग्जांपल आई एम सेटिंग एन एग्जांपल रॉन्ग है तो राइट है तो पैसा तो देबे वाला बुद्धि टिके सिखम बस ଆପଣ ବେଶୀ ଟିକେ ବାକି ଡାକି ଟିକେ କ୍ଲାସ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ସେନ୍ସିଟାଇଜ କରନ୍ତୁ ଏଇ ଷ୍ଟାଫ ମାନେ ଯୋଉ ସାଇଡରେ ଯୋଉ ଦେଖିବେ ସେଟା ବନ୍ଦ ହେବାର
I also belong to the same university as a student. So
ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ କଣ ହଉଛି
definitely, but apart from the case, because I cannot
I am
state
saying
on
apart from the case only. I am not saying this case. This is general tendency of the university. University era মানে tendency ହେଉଛି ଏୟା
what I have found now is that has reduced to bit.
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କୁହାଗଲା ଆପଣ କହିଲେ ମତେ କିନ୍ତୁ ରିଏଲ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ସିଚୁଏସନ ନଟ୍ ଦେୟାର ଆପଣ ସ୍ପୋକ୍ସ ପର୍ସନ ହେଲେ କହିଦେଲେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡରେ ସେୟା ହଉଛି କି ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡରେ ନୁହେଁ ଆପଣ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡରେ ଦିନେ ସାଧା ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟ ସାର୍ଟ ପିନ୍ଧିକିରି ଯିବେ ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି କାଉନସିଲ ବୁଲିକି ଆସିବେ ତାପରେ କଣ ହଉଛି ଆପଣ ଦେଖିଦେବେ
ଆଜିକାଲି ଭିଜିଲାନ୍ସ
ମୁଁ ଯାଇଛି ଏଥିପାଇଁ କହୁଛି ସାର୍ ଯାଇଛି
ଆଜିକାଲି ଭିଜିଲାନ୍ସ ସବୁଆଡେ ଚଢାଉ କରୁଛନ୍ତି
ସେଠିକି ଯିବେନି କେହି ଭିଜିଲାନ୍ସ ସେଠିକି ଯିବେନି ସେଠି ହାତ ମାରିବେନି ବୁଝିଲେ ଭିଜିଲାନ୍ସ ବାଲା ଛୁଆ ପଡୁଥିବ ସେଠି ସେମାନେ ହାତ ମାରିବେନି ନେକ୍ସଟ
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Item 44.
बाय मंडे नोट दे देवे ହେଲା नेक्स्ट
Your Lord, this case was heard on the last occasion and the opposite party was absent on that day.
now you are there now today also you are absent you are absent present but absent
No, notes of submission I'll file in short date. Notes of submission.
କଣ କରିବି ଏଟା ହିୟରିଂ ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲା
My
ନା
lord, on the last occasion, my Lord's sister was submitting before your lordship. And your lordship had direct
hiding
before that, your lordship, I had pressed the matter. Your lordship may kindly hear the matter afresh.
ସେ ତ ଫେର ନାହିଁ ଫ୍ରେଶ ନାହିଁ ଆଉ କଣ କରିବି ଆପଣ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ କି କରିବ
Say another Mr. Sahu.
tell him to come or what is this finish it 2020 matter
3 तारीख के साथ 3 तारीख
5 तारीख
5 तारीख मोटे
ठीक है।
we commencing 9th your lordship.
ओके ठीक है 10th करो 10th है yes get ready the parties are related to get ready with the
And written argument, my lord, if any,
okay next
Item 45.
45
Item 45, your lordship, in previous occasion, your lordship has directed to submit the written note of submission.
prepare it prepare it is already over
My lord,
argument is over
argument was over.
okay what is your name
Sri Sukla. Sri Sukla.
Shukla was it Madhya Pradesh
No,
where are you from
Jagatsinghpur.
Shukla sir but I've heard this is from Chhattisgarh or Madhya Pradesh Shukla surname okay so you give this note you have given
My lord, I have already submitted. On the last submission, I have already
submitted Next. Sri Shukla. na? Next,
Item 46.
46.
next week also.
Is there one line?
Later, Mr. was there, actually, they are late for the home.
Okay, ठीक है. Kevin, 11. 11 as.
Oblige.
47.
47.
Power to appearance memo, Mr. Mishra
You
was.
have the power with the opposite party.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, for the opposite party.
Yes,
What is the issue?
my case is that in 2014 and 15, in railway plot in Kotak, I was in occupation of the plot number 57 since 1938 from the period of my
But
ancestor.
the encroachment.
And
This
not,
is
not
basically
on
an
rent basis, on rent basis.
Lease rent.
Lease
Yes.
rent from the railway. And there is two-story building. In 2015, one survey was conducted as basis. And that survey, in my in survey list, they have also the OP 5 and 6 managed to insert their name against my plot number 57. By virtue of it, they tried to grab the same. I came before this honorable court. This honorable court remanded the matter to the commercial divisional manager OP3. While this case is pending, they have at that time the railway issued the 100 numbers of notice to the all occupants for eviction. And that was challenged before the lordship, before this honorable court, a stay was granted. By getting that opportunity of that incorrect insertion of their name, they tried to give an eviction order in their favor for that land, and filed a writ petition tagged with all batch cases. Got the stay order. But prior to that, that 57 plot, my case is pending before the same self authority with regards to the occupation and the wrong error in the survey list.
That is still pending.
The still pending. The previous writ petitions, my case is still previous disposed of. My pleadings and case was the 2 times heard by that same authority.
But they have not passed any order.
No.
They are only hearing and they are keeping pen.
Keep it back. Thereafter,
Upon copying.
Railway,
thereafter, my lord,
Why didn't you finish it?
what happened in this case?
pleadings already been over. I have given the written note of submission as I lordship wanted to know and wanted to file the previous occasion. I am prepared.
Specifically, they want to challenge the survey report. Their name excluded and they were the high council included. Here my question, railway now the Kota Margodam, totally land and property belongs to the railway. Now that wants to extend their quarter, everything. So they have claimed that I have got lease from 3 independent. But now that all are the unauthorized occupant. To that,
I'm admitting that.
That's why that is noticed.
That is what he is also saying. He is not saying he is an authorized occupant. He is
Yes.
authorized.
Yes.
He agree with that.
2 stories building.
Now the
there.
question is, if it is pending before the, why don't you?
And that read application you also kindly see.
No, they have not
It is
passed any order.
No. They did,
Earlier read.
the commercial manager of the railway, why don't you dispose it out?
No, there is no pendency to that effect.
To previous writ application pursuant to the yes, my grievance is that because I have constructed a 2 stories building since 1938.
Unauthorized land.
That will be my lord, there are so much buildings are there being constructed by the occupants. My area is 404 square meters. Storage building, my belongings are there. OP 56 by virtue.
I'm not going to.
May I pray
I'm
one
asking
thing?
a simple question.
Yes, my lord.
How much land you have encroached?
404 square meters.
Square meter.
They are claiming, they are pleading is that they have constructed a house, they have purchased the land for income tax. How it is possible? Income
That
yes,
that
you
I
have
have
taken
not
the
plea.
plea.
You have taken the plea. I am not arguing that. I am just praying before your lordship. since I'm an occupant, like all other occupants, 1938 or something like that part maybe. My P5, 4 and 6 and stranger cannot be inserted against my plot.
Who inserted it?
The survey was conducted, the railway authority, that is impugned in this present writ application.
So that is where is the alternative remedy?
Alternative remedy, I pray your lordship may direct the senior divisional manager OP2, because the divisional commercial manager has done everything to take a decision.
Order khatam ete kahi
Yes,
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ସବୁ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ଇଏ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆମେ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଏଟା କେହି ପାଇପାରିବେନି
Best.
ଆମେ ଘର ବନେଇବୁ ଆମେ ରାସ୍ତା ବନେଇବୁ ଯାହା କରିବୁ
But my building cannot be used by some other person.
ठीक है आप ऐसे रेलवे वाला नहीं तो खुशी है
हाँ ये वो खुशी.
Pardon my lord. Mr. Pati is appearing for the opposite party was 5 and 6, my lord. He is out of court, my lord. Written statement has let into another day, my lord, for disposal of.
Written submission ଦଉଛନ୍ତି
another day କରନ୍ତୁ
Yes.
ଛାଡ ଏରା ଗୋଟେ କି କେସ୍
OP2 କୁ ଖାଲି direction.
ଆପଣ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ରିଟର୍ନ ନୋଟ ସମସ୍ତେ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଛାଡ
prayer thila. In this present writ application, there is stay of survey. It's still continuing. My lord, that may be later, but the OP conduct of the OP 5 and 6 and railway authority, they are still using proceeding.
अपन तो लैंड नहीं अब एक भिखारी दूसरे को भी मैं तेरा इसको सारा
May your lordship may say that till the decision and till
secret encroacher अपन
till the decision the occupation the occupation in respect of plot number 57 shall be outcome of that decision. But
ठीक है let the senior decision decide करो मुझे order pass कर दीजिए से decide करो जा against करो जा favor करो तो अपन को हाथ रखी छाड़ दो हाँ ठीक है next
Item 48.
48 48
Yes, ma'am.
48, I pray some other day may your lordship may take up this matter.
not prepared how it is
Now it is time letter gives some.
fifth yeah I understand but remember you have to argue come prepared and argue okay huh
Yes, your lordship.
You say bank.
It will be visible it will be invisible after that okay anyway fifth next 5th September 49
49.
18 note of us.
दे दो आरपटी दे दो रिजर्व 50
Item 50 urgent is
51
51 urgent is tomorrow.
ठीक है 52
52.
52
Well, one more thing. Your lordship has directed to keep the papers proceedings of the loan force should be kept with you. It is already order is there. I
didn't get what that कौन पूछ रही
departmental proceeding records should be kept with her. Kept with her. It is already the order is there. Only your lordship's order.
I have to see that order. I have
No,
first order.
she told me that it is not, they have not got till now. So the left date is.
Okay, the next we'll see on 5th. Huh? You try to find out.
Yes, your lordship.
Next.
Item number 52.
52 non-appears. This is about 19th September. 53.
53.
The victim have directed.
Both of you. 54.
54.
Order.
Over.
54.
Over.
9. 55.
55 urgent is.
Okay. 54 to the say.
Okay.
25
Fine.
That's all.
56.